Yeah.
Item 1.
ଏଟା ଦେବା ପାଇଁ କହିଥିଲି note.
No, ସବୁ ଦିଆହେଇଛି।
My lord, the written note is given already.
Already given. I have also given.
Actually note ଆସିନଥିଲା ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଲାଗିଛି ଏଟା।
ଲାଗିଛି।
note ପାଇଁ ଲାଗିଛି।
My lord, the written
Already
note has
filed on the
already
court.
filed.
All of you have given note.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, my lord.
चल ठीक है। Order reserve कर दे। Okay, next. Item 2. अरे item 2 कहाँ आसुनी? खोलने को।
Lord's case was heard and order was reserved, my lord.
Oh, to mention. अच्छा, some of the matters notes are not given, so that's why.
That's at the.
That's what they said. And many matters actually note
Written notes
are to be given and not given in many matters. That's why.
Written note of submission I have filed.
Huh?
Written note of submission.
You filed?
Yes.
Both parties.
No, both parties I have no. Don't.
Okay, if anybody not filed in all the matters, then please file it till item 5.
My lord, in item number 4, I am appearing for the state. I have already.
You have filed.
Yes, my lord. On 8th of February, I have filed.
I am in this matter also. Item 4, I have also filed. Okay, then okay. Fine. No problem. Item 5, 6.
Item number
Okay,
6.
thank you.
Well.
6. 6.
Item number 6.
6.
Item 6, I have limited power to target the Anganwadi appeal lordship.
Huh? Target.
Target.
I'm target କରୁନି କିଛି।
Lordship, the appeal has
But
been.
କେବେ ଦେଇଥିଲେ?
Pardon, my lord.
କେବେ ଦେଇଥିଲେ appeal ପାଇଁ?
April.
April.
Lordship.
Before the ADM.
Lordship. Annexure 1.
I'm not targeting anything. Hello?
Lordship, kindly within a stipulated period of time.
No. I'm not targeting. If start entertaining such kind of evidence, there will be again another multiplicity of litigation.
No,
false
Lordship,
litigation.
nothing.
Sorry. No jumping of the queue. Now the concept of the petitioner. Files the present instruction, taking a direction from this court to target the Anganwadi appeal.
Lordship.
Number 3 of 2023 filed on 6/4/2023. Filed on behalf of the petitioner, challenging the order dated LM 193 dated 29/3 of 2023 on the issue of engagement order for AWW ICDS project Buguda. Without going to the merit of the prayer of the Lord Counsel of the petitioner, it is made clear that this court is not generally doesn't issue direction to the appellate court for disposing of the appeal within a stipulated time. Full stop. However, considering the delay in disposal of the present case, the ADM Chhatrapur is directed to dispose of the said appeal within a period of 1 month from the date of presentation of the order. Allah. Next.
Item number 7.
My lord, this case is ex gratia system. This case is ex gratia system.
Huh?
This case is ex gratia.
Ex gratia. What is the issue?
The petitioner's mother died due to drowning in water.
Due to?
Drowning in water.
Due to?
Drowning in water.
Drowning.
Drowning in water.
Oh, drowning. We were saying something else. Where? Where was she drowned?
15/9/2021.
Where? Kouthi.
In pond.
Pond. ପହଁରି ଯାଇନଥିଲେ କେମିତି ବୁଡିଗଲେ? ଗାଧେଇ ଯାଇଥିଲେ ବୁଡିଗଲେ କେମିତି?
ଗାଧେଇ ଯିବା ଟାଇମରେ ପଡିଲେ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଡ୍ରାଉନିଂ ଯଦି ବର୍ଷା ପାଣି ପଳେଇ ଆସିଲା ହଠାତ୍ ସବୁ ଉଠେଇ ନେଇଗଲା ସେଟା ଡ୍ରାଉନ୍, ସେଟା ଗୋଟେ ଅଲଗା
ସେଟା
ଆଉ ବନ୍ଧକୁ ଗାଧେଇ ଯିବେ ଆପଣ କୋଉଠି ଭିତରକୁ ପଳେଇବେ ପାଣି ବୁଡି ଡ୍ରାଉନିଂ କେମିତି ହବ? I can understand ବହୁତ ବଡ ମାନେ ଏମିତି କିଛି
ସାର୍ ଫ୍ଲଡ୍ ରେ ହେଲେ ମିଳିବନି ସାର୍। ଫ୍ଲଡ୍ ରେ ହେଲେ ମିଳିବନି, ଯୋଉଟା କି ଫ୍ଲଡ୍ ରେ ହେଲେ ମିଳିବନି, ରେ ଆସିବନି।
ଏଟା କେମିତି ଆସିବ? ଏଟା କୋଉଠି ଆସିବ ମତେ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ। I am ready to give it. Show me first.
Page number 19.
I am fully with you, provided you satisfy me by showing the law. Otherwise, don't have any
Annexure
problem.
two,
You
annexure
get money,
two.
I am very happy.
Sir, annexure two, my lord, annexure two, kindly
Huh?
annexure two.
Annexure
Two,
two,
page number 19.
page number 19.
On its-
Is it lightning, heat wave, whirlwind, tornado, heavy rain, boat accident, drowning hele hobo, boat accident, capsizing of boat hele hobo,
Next please.
drowning other than during flood.
Flood.
Acha, flood nahi sir. The drowning, ko prakar drowning achi ta? Let's read it. 7th ko aso. Fine, 7 lekha hai nahi.
7.
Huh?
7, drowning other than. during
Gan
flood.
to bujhebani kemtiya budiba ta. Other than during flood, snake biting other than during flood. अरे जोड़ा दरकार सेठी दो नाहंते जोड़ा न दरकार सेठी दबो ड्राउनिंग वैसे फ्लड लोग बुड़ी बुड़ा के मर जियो ताको सिना हेल्प करियो साधा जगह के पानी में डूबी डूबी के मरियो ताको तुम एक जैसे दबो वाह
Notification.
की लॉ बने छो क्लैरिफाई मिस्टर मून क्लैरिफाई व्हाट काइंड ऑफ ड्राउनिंग या पर आउ किसी क्लैरिफिकेशन नहीं है अपन
ना यार से माने उठे ऑर्डर शो करछन
करो
ए जो पेज 19 रे
ए जो एटा नहीं
सेटा ही अछि से ड्राउनिंग अदर देन ड्यूरिंग
पूरा
फ्लड
इंटर कर दिया प्लीज
4 lakhs बट ये इंस्ट्रक्शन आउट जे को सर्कमस्टेंस ड्राउनिंग टा
एटा 2015
डिजास्टर
1/4/2015 notification.
एटा लेटेस्ट तो को प्रकार डाउनिंग
आसु फर्स्ट टाइम आइसी को डेटा
Lord Council of the State is directed to take instruction on the issue of drowning. What kind of drowning will be construed as a case for ex gratia payment? Since the petitioner, this is a beggar. This is a beggar.
Yes.
देखो कुछ नहीं जो वाला बेगिंग लोग कुछ ड्राउनिंग बोले किंतु जान ले अपन
Police report.
यूडी केसेस यूडी केसेस
यूरी
यूडी केस है अननेचुरल डेथ केस है पोस्टमार्टम
कि मारी मुरा के पके देन तो
Page number 14. Medical report.
I'm just is it a case for murder or something?
नहीं
No.
PM report opinion ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି all the findings described are antimortem in nature and consistent with the finding of drowning.
Let's see. से की अच्छी तरह ये की तब
Son.
Petitioner is
son
son.
72-year-old lady. What is the compensation given to this
4 lakhs.
4 lakhs.
4 lakh? बैंक वाला कितने जानती मिडिलमैन कितने इसी तरह मजरे
I don't know.
4 लाख ରୁ 4 लाख तो केबे पाउ नथिबे ग्यारंटी पाउ नथिबे बैंक केते नहीं मु ऑर्डर पास करी मते आइ जणेबे किंतु केते टंका मिडिलमैन को देले आ केते टंका बैंक वाला नेला
Sir, account को जाउची एटा डायरेक्ट account को.
अकाउंट गले तो सेते तो मजा अछि सेटु काढी के देबो से नहाले पाइबेनी जेते दिन से रेडी न होईची अकाउंट को ट्रांसफर ही हबनी यू नो दैट सिस्टम मैक्सिमम एक्स ग्रेशिया केस रे कोन होची मिस्टर चुना साहू कैन यू गिव मी सम डेटा ऑफ योर बैंक जोटे की बैंक दिए पैसा मिडिलमैन अधा नहीं जाए 4 लाख रे से लाख टका जरूर पड़ेगो जो लाख रे अधिक पड़ेगो मिडिलमैन अधा नहीं जाए बैंक वाला जो ऑफिसर से भी अधा नहीं जाए से सेठी ना बनी ता घरे नहीं देगी देबे नाले से काढी बनी पास करियो you know that I know that that's why I'm saying I know many people who are not getting 100% lightning people. There are 4 or 5 lightning people I know in a village. They died. Ex gratia payment was released. They got hardly 50% of them. This is a very serious issue. And I want to do something on this. You must take at least whenever there is order is passed in this court, after getting the ex gratia payment, he or she has to file an affidavit that he has received the full amount. Affidavit file करूँ, तापर देखिए जहाँ बड़े but से तक वो डरे जिसमें कौन करिए ठीक है कोर्ट को जाने लो तो एक बार दूर कौन करो poor people they are really they're suffering a lot. They're not paying At least 40 to 50% ସେମାନେ ନେଇଯାଆନ୍ତି। Very pathetic situation। ତମର ବି ସେଥିରେ share ଥିବ କି? ମୁଁ ଦିଲ୍ଲୀ ଦେବି ha ମତେ କେତେ percent ଦେବୁ? This is called champati litigation, don't do champati litigation, champatus contract, orally he is giving you a short date 27th July। Next
Item number 8.
8
May I please, your lordship? Similar issue, lordship, as a compensation, the only son of the present petitioner, 26 years.
how did he die?
In Mahanadi River, while he was with his friends, the for
ମହାରାଜ ନିଧର କାହିଁ ଗଲା ସେ?
ଗାଧେଇ ଯାଇଥିଲେ
କାହିଁ ଗାଧେଇବେ? ମହାରାଜ ଗାଧେଇବେ ଅଛି?
ଘର ପାଖରେ ମାନେ ନଈ
ପାଖରେ
କରରେ ଘର ସବୁଦିନ ସେଠି ଗାଧାନ୍ତି
ଯାଅ
ଆକ୍ସିଡେଣ୍ଟାଲି
ନେଇଯାଅ ଅର୍ଡର ନିଅ।
ପିଏମ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଟା ବି ଦେଇଛି ପେଜ 21
ଆଉ ବନ୍ଧ ନାହିଁ କି
ହେଲେ
ପାଖରେ ବନ୍ଧ ଫନ୍ଧ ନାହିଁ କି ଗାଧେଇବା ପାଇଁ? ମହାରାଜ
ନାଇଁ।
ଗୋଟେ ଆଜି
ନଈ କରରେ ଘର ତାଙ୍କ ସବୁଦିନ ସେମାନେ ଚାଷ ଚାଷ
ନଈ
କାମ
କୂଳରେ
କରି
ଗାଧେଇଲା
ଗାଧାନ୍ତି
କିଛି
ନଈ।
ହବନି, ଯେ ଭିତରକୁ ଯିବ
ହଁ,
ତାର ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହବ। ଯେମିତି ଲୋକ ଗାଧେଇ ଯାଆନ୍ତି ସମୁଦ୍ର ଖଣ୍ଡରେ ଗାଧେଇ ଗାଧେଇ ପଳେଇ ପଳେଇ ଭିତରକୁ ତାର
ହୁଁ, ହୁଁ।
ସମୁଦ୍ର ଉଠେଇ ନେବ କୁଆଡେ ତାପରେ ଗଲା ଖୋଜିତା ତାର ଡ୍ରାଉନିଂ ରେ ମଲା। ତମେ କାହିଁ ସେମିତି କାମ କରିବ ଆଉ? ଏନିୱେ ଛାଡ, you take instruction ହେଲା ସେମ୍ ଡେ ଲଗେଇ ଦିଟା। ନେକ୍ସଟ
ଲସି କିପିଂ
କେତେ ଦିନ ଦେଖ 27 ଫାଇନାଲ फाइनली डिसाइड कर देबी आउ काउंटर रीजन रे वेट करबिनी हला फटाफट काउंटर फाइल करंतु न कले नहीं फाइल पूरा काउंटर ले शॉर्ट काउंटर फाइल कर दंतु काउंटर बी फाइल ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द स्टेट ऑन 27 आउ रीजन रे फिजन रे किसी कहबिनी हला नेक्स्ट
Item number 9.
9 सिद्धि विनायक नॉलेज एनक्लेव बीबीएसआर।
In this matter, I am for the petitioner, my lord.
You for the
Here,
petitioner?
my lord. Here the
Raised
grievances of the
against the
petitioner that he is entitled to get some subsidy amount from the government of Orissa under tourism department. He is availed a loan facility for the development of the tourism, that is the resort nearby Chilika. That a loan amount was availed from the Punjab and Sindh Bank, my lord.
How much loan?
1 crore 42 lakhs out of
What
that
are the subsidy?
25%. That
Probably 20 lakh 25 lakh
that his representation is pending before the authority, that is the
यार छेड़ा कीजिए हवनी एटी दिलेबा रिप्रेजेंटेशन रे जान दो।
Lord. And they have also given a reply under Annex 2, that is the tourism department has given that letter. On that basis, lordship,
कौन लगी जी?
that his grievances to be considered, that is the Annex 2 page.
अरे नहीं नहीं ग्रीवेंस में दी हुई नहीं इशू नोटिस।
No, okay.
So basically you what did you do there actually?
Milord, that is the resort, Milord, the Nimala Jhala nearby Khalikot, in a
No, what kind of resort? Is it a temporary resort?
temporary resort, Milord.
Resort maybe even nowadays temporary resort are also developed. For example, there is suppose in Koraput. In many of the forested area, they have some tent house kind of thing. And people go.
No,
and
these
stay
are
there
the
and stay.
pura
So that is also resort.
constructed building are there. Building are Pakka house.
So you have spent money. they have not-
Huge money, more than 3 crores amount have been spent, my lord. I have
So you
taken,
got 75 lakh. roughly.
my lord, I have taken loan 1 crore.
Why you have not paid the subsidy amount, sir? काम तो कला ले करे दूसरी अब पैसा दला लो कम पे दूना।
The government of Orissa are also.
रुआन तो ना
My lord.
मारे instruction first time is
take instruction ना तो tourism secretary will present here to explain this is not done। लोग को आसे की पैसा invest करी बिजा 3 कोटी खंडर तो subsidy दला ले आपन कहीं देबे नहीं। If you within 3 days you don't explain why this is not being given, your tourism secretary will be present here।
आगोटी समय देना असुविधा
समय कोना समय
नहीं,
एटे
बहुत problems।
what is it केते दिन एटा 2018 2018 मसिया केस
we need some time at least
You,
our
1 week only 1 week not more than
First
1
week
week.
of
No
August.
1 week sorry only 1 week 25th रे आसु
My lord.
25th रे आपण रिप्लाई देबा पे कोन आसे आपण तो काई पैसा ताको देबेनी कोन पे सिर्फ पैसा इन्वेस्ट करबा हाथ रे
30th
आपण
August.
see there is a concept called promissory estoppel। You are promising to pay certain amount of money to that as subsidy, that's why he has approached
Yes,
and he has developed,
but
he has spent money
we need some.
with the desire that he will get money and you are not giving. Is it not violation of the
ଠିକ ଅଛି,
proceedings?
but we need some time to prepare counter and all these things.
1 week.
ସବୁ
Not more than 1 week. No, government ସବୁବେଳେ ଏମିତି କରି ତମ time ନେଇକି waste କରୁଛ time. Nothing doing. 1 week ରେ ତମର tourism department କେତେଟା case ଅଛି କି? ତାର hardly ତାର କେତେଟା case ଥିବ.
We are facing problem.
You are not facing problem. Your officer will come and give you the point to point reply or whatever. Maximum the officer ସବୁ ବନେଇ ଆଣିକି ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ମାନେ sign ମାରନ୍ତି କଣଟା ଆପଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି କି? ଆମେ କରିନୁ
no
କି?
comment
ଆମେ ଥିଲୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଜାଗାରେ।
ସବୁ no comment.
ହଁ no comment ଆପଣ କୋଉ comment ଦେଇକି ଦେଖନ୍ତି କି? ଆମେ ବି ସେ ଜାଗାରେ ଥିଲୁ ଭାଇ। ଆମେ ଜାଣିନୁ କେମିତି
We are
ଦେଖନ୍ତି।
facing problem.
କିଛି ନାହିଁ।
ଛଅଟାରେ ଯାଉଛି
ଦୁଇ ପେଜ ଧରିକି ଆସିବ 2 ପେଜ ଆଡେ ଗୋଟେ ଧରିବା no comment no comment no comment କୋଉଠି 2-4ଟା ଜାଗାରେ କଣ ଲେଖିଦବ ତାପରେ ଆପଣ ଧରିଦେବେ ଆଉ କଣଟା ଲେଖିବେ ଯେ ଓକେ 10 days time ଦଉଛି ହେଲା
First week
ଓକେ first August ହେଲା
With permission.
1st August
With permission.
if you don't give me the satisfactory reply then your tourism secretary will be personally paid.
again.
Next.
Let them not to take bank, not to take recovery agents are coming to the day.
ସେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ବାଲାକୁ ଆପଣ ପାର୍ଟି ବନେଇ ନାହାନ୍ତି ତ
Bank
କରିଛନ୍ତି?
OP 2 and 3.
ଭାଇ ରିକଭରି ଏଜେଣ୍ଟ କୁ ମୁଁ କେମିତି ମନା କରିବି କୋଉ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କରୁ ଆଣିଛନ୍ତି
Recovery not to take.
କୋଉ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କରୁ ଆଣିଛନ୍ତି
Punjab and Sindh bank.
ପଞ୍ଜାବ ସିନ୍ଧ ଆଉ କଣ ଅଛି କି ସେ ତ ଗଲାଣି
No, Punjab and Sindh.
sir
That is-
Punjab and Sindh bank is no more there it has merged with Punjab National Bank
No, my lord.
ଆପଣ ସେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କର ପରେ ଆପଣ
No, Punjab and PNB is separate. Punjab and Sindh bank is.
ଜଣା ଅଛି ସାର୍ ଏବେ
Sir,
merger
ଏବେ
ପରେ ଏଇଟା ଅଛି
ବି
କି
ଅଛି
ପଚାରୁଛି?
sir. Punjab and Sindh bank has not merged, my lord.
ଇଣ୍ଡିପେଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ ଅଛି ଯେ?
ଏବେ ବି ଅଛି,
ଛୋଟ
sir.
ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କଟା କିଏ ନେଲେନି
My lord,
କିଏ ନେଲେନି ଛୋଟ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କଟା ଏଇଟା
ନାଇଁ ଚାଲି ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ମାନେ ଅଣ୍ଡର ପ୍ରୋସେସ ରେ ଅଛି ଯିବ କଣ
ମୁଁ as far as I know it is merged
ନାଇଁ।
ମୁଁ ଟିକେ check କରେ ଏମିତି ହେଇପାରିବନି my information should not be wrong.
ପଞ୍ଜାବ ନ୍ୟାସନାଲ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ,
PNB
I may be knowing our bank council ଅଛନ୍ତି
ନାଇଁ,
ହେଇପାରନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ଟିକେ check କରେ ମୋର knowledge ସେରା ଅଛି
ମିଲ
let me check Punjab
24.
merger of 10 public sector banks to come into effect from today so ଭିତରେ କିଏ କିଏ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଦେଖୁଛି ହେଲା Oriental Bank of Commerce
OBC merged
United Bank of India will be
PNB,
merged into
PNB,
Punjab National Bank.
PNB.
Okay, ठीक है voilà next Syndicate Bank will merge with
merge with
Canara.
Canara
Indian Bank will merge with Allahabad.
With the
Union
Alla-
Bank will merge with Andhra. SBI Bank of 6 merge
Bank with the State Bank of
SBI
India.
Bank of Baroda, Punjab National Bank, Canara Union Bank. After merger there will be 12 PSUs. Okay ନେଲେନି ବୋଧେ ରହିଗଲା anyway ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ହଉ ଠିକ ଅଛି ତାହେଲେ Punjab and Sindh Bank okay okay so issue notice to the bank Punjab and Sindh Bank represented through its branch manager କୁ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ନା
branch manager OP number 3 ମିଲ
OP number 3 issue notice OP number 3 କଣ IA ରେ କଣ ମାଗିଛନ୍ତି
not to take a recovery agent creating problem for that region of the right
already.
subsidy ଟା ଆସିଗଲେ ଆଉ
କେତେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର କେତେ ଲୋନ କେତେ ଅଛି
1 crore 42 lakhs
loan total loan so subsidy ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ପ୍ରାୟ 75 lakh ମିଳିଯିବ ନାଇଁ
ମିଳିଗଲେ
okay since the petitioner is awaiting the subsidy to be given by the state of Odisha tourism department state of Odisha the petitioner is not in a position to the petitioner is in a financially precarious condition to honor the loan commitment of the OP number 3 bank. Hence, the petitioner prays for a prays for no coercive action against the petitioner. Accordingly, the I number is accordingly the bank is directed not to take coercive action till the next date. Next date is 1st August. Next,
Item number 10,
10.
Kindly call the matter after 4 weeks.
Hmm?
Kindly call the
ଆଜ୍ଞା
matter.
ଏଇ ମତେ ଟାଇମ ମାଗିଲେ ମତେ ଆଜିକାଲି ବହୁତ ଚିଡା ମାରୁଛି ଟାଇମ ମୁଁ କାହାକୁ ଦେବିନି ଭାବୁଛି ଟାଇମ ଆଉ ଦେବିନି Why am every day ଖାଲି ଖାଲି ଟାଇମ ଆଉ ମୁଁ କିଛି କରିବିନି
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ।
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଦଉନି ଏଟା 2000 କେବେ କେବେ ମାଟ୍ରିକ
ଏଇ 23 ର
23 ର
ଆଜ୍ଞା
20 ଲେଖା ହେଇଯିବ
ସେଇଠି 2000 ନମ୍ବରଟା ଅଛି 2023 ର।
23 ର
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
23 ର ଦେଇଦେବି ହଉ 23 ର ଦେଇଦେବି କେବେ କେବେ
4 weeks ପରେ ଆସ।
4 weeks ପରେ କଣ ପାଇଁ
ଟିକେ
କଣ issue ଟା
personal problem ଅଛି।
ଇସ୍ୟୁଟା କଣ
argument
ନୋଟିସ ହେଇଛି
No.
ଆଉ ତ କାହା ପାଇଁ ନୋଟିସ ଆଗ ଇସ୍ୟୁ କରେ ପର୍ସନାଲ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଆପଣ କରିଥିବୁ ନୋଟିସ ଇସ୍ୟୁ କରୁଛି ନୋଟିସ ପାଇଁ କଣ ଅସୁବିଧା ହଉଛି ଆପଣ ପର୍ସନାଲ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଦେଖ ହ୍ୱାଟ ଇଜ ଦ ଇସ୍ୟୁ କହନ୍ତୁ
ଇସ୍ୟୁଟା ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କରେ ଟଙ୍କା ଅଛି ଇଏ father is the petitioner in this case. The son has deposited the amount in his wife's name. The wife has killed his husband and he is in custody, judicial custody.
କ୍ରିମିନାଲ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ଟା ତମର
No, I am father.
ଆଉ କଣ ଫାଦର ର ପଇସା ସନ୍ ନେଇଯାଉଛି ସନ୍ ର ପଇସା ୱାଇଫ ନେଇଯାଉଛି ତାକୁ ମାରି
Now,
ଦଉଛି
son of father and son, so that the amount cannot be released.
ଆପଣ କଣ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି
Not to be released till disposal of the
ନଟ୍ ଟୁ ବି ରିଲିଫ କାହା ପାଖରେ ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଅଫିସରେ ଅଛି ପଇସା
post office ରେ ଅଛି bank ରେ ଅଛି।
କୋଉ ପଇସା ମାନେ ଏ ଯୋଉ ପଇସା ଯୋଉ ଡିପୋଜିଟ କରିଥିଲା କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
କେତେ
ସେ amount near about 1 lakh ଭିତରେ ହବ। Issue notice.
so who is the petitioner now
Petitioner, father of the petitioner Harishchandra Panda is the father of the deceased.
the deceased son of the petitioner was a collection agent of opposite party number 2, 3 and 4 bank in the locality. The commission and collection amount were kept in the bank in his wife's name as she has no independent source of income. On 28/4/2009, the wife, opposite party number 5, killed her husband with the help of Supari killer. Now she is in judicial custody. On 9/6/2023, she threatened on dire consequences against her family members to take action after releasing from jail custody. As the petitioner is one of the legal heir of his deceased son, he has right and interest on the deposit amount. So the petitioner is constrained to approach this court for injuncting anybody to take to get the money released. Huh? Okay, accordingly, notice is issued to OP number
1 to
1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. कहाँ करछली? Superintendent, post master, branch manager, State Bank of India. State Bank of India कौन है?
जोठी अमाउंट रा रहिची जोठी से सेट करे बैंक रो कमिशनर एजेंट थिला तल की कमिशनर
बैंक रा पोस्ट ऑफिस दी जाय
माइल
ओके 1 2 3 4 5 5 तो जेल रे अछि बरा ताक का नोटिस देल जेल रे थिबस जेल रे अछि से हां से कोन आवे एनी दे दे जा नोटिस जेल वाला के नोटिस दो
she has filed the bail petition before this Hon'Ble High Court.
Now release. Release. कौन custody के को जन तला पक्का ना she is outside okay 1 2 3 4 5 returnable on 14th August हला next our time आगु थिले notice issue ने time आगु को जन ताले time आगु शॉर्ट रोड मांगी देबे next
item number 11,
11
The grievance of a widow mother, her husband died in the COVID. So I filed
मतलब देखान तो death certificate देखान
death certificate, my lord.
Straight come to death certificate.
Page 11.
Page 11.
Page 11, annexure 1 series. That is a report of the SUV Medical College that
Page 11.
certified that one patient named
Sir, it is COVID से लेकिन
COVID, my lord.
code लिखी code लिखी
मतलब सारी SARI COVID suspect cardio pulmonary arrest.
Pulmonary.
But that 5 days before he was admitted in the SC hospital and the COVID wing he was continued as a indoor patient and last
So what do you say?
29th.
There is a site. He used to upload all these documents in the website and.
So have you applied in this
Yes,
format
apply.
there?
Yes, apply my lord. Annexure my lord. That I filed my lord.
कोई next
Page 17. Annexure 4. page 17, my lord.
Next one.
Page, annexure 4, page 17.
The repent-
Filed an application of the commission through email applies and
Sir, ସେମିତି ହୁଏନି ତାର
then-
ପୋର୍ଟାଲ ଅଛି ପୋର୍ଟାଲ ରେ apply କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ।
next page,
Caps.
next page. That is a,
ଏଇଟା କଣଟା?
under
Hmm.
that process I have filed.
Complete ଏଇଟା କଣ
Computer,
କରୁଛନ୍ତି?
through email, my lord. Through email it was filed.
No, no.
Mail ନାହିଁ।
ସାର୍ ଗୋଟେ ପୋର୍ଟାଲ ଅଛି ପୋର୍ଟାଲ ରେ ଆପଣ
ସେଇଟା portal ହେଇଛି.
Caps.
ପୋର୍ଟାଲ କୋଉଠି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଏଟା କୋଭିଡ
It-
ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ ପୋର୍ଟାଲ yes
You have successfully completed the
yes
registration.
he has given covid information portal
Registration I have filed.
yeah
There no action is taken.
okay you take
Yes, I will take it.
notice Land Council state to take notice you give a copy
Yes, I already filed copy. Also, copy sharp. They permitted them.
the petitioner challenges the inaction of the district administration Cuttack for not releasing the ex gratia assistance due to sad demise of the husband of the petitioner in COVID-19 on sir on ଲେଖିଲେ ଆଉ dated ଲେଖିବେନି on ହେଲେ on ରହିବ dead ରହିବ ଆଉ dated ଲେଖିଲେ on ଲେଖିବେନି
Sorry, sir.
dated ଶୁଣିଯିବ on dated is not good 29/10/2020
Is it
violating the guideline of National Disaster Management Authority of Government of India for granting ex gratia to the next of kin of the deceased by COVID-19 as per direction of the Honorable Supreme Court Vide order dated 36/2021 passed in WPC number 539 of and 554 of 2021. Issue notice to OP number
1 and 2.
1 and 2.
Mother, extra copy also.
Extra copy to be served. Learn consider the state waves of notice.
He's a, that this is what the working as a medicine representative. While discharge the duty.
Anyway, let him take notice. He'll take it.
The date may be.
10th August. Next,
Item number 12.
12.
May please, my lord. Kindly pass over, my lord.
Kindly read the matter. Kindly read. First time.
Yes.
First time. Notice is any.
Yes.
First time.
Kindly read. Lego. Read it.
My lord.
Read. कौन केस तो जाने ना पढ़ने से जाने एटी मुह देखा पे आसीबनी पाठ पढ़ ना पढ़ला एटी एंट्री मारिबनी ए कोर्ट को रीड इट फाइल टा पढ़ी के एतले केडे आराम से करंत ना नहीं फाइल तो पढ़ीबनी on 4th September now next
Sir, oblique.
Item number 13.
May please, your lordship, my lord.
13
My lord.
बुक फिरा है ए बाबू बुक फेरे के जाओ this is court property can't be part of it, we can't party to हला आज जगरी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पढ़िबो जगरी 1 ରୁ 20 जाय पढ़िबो म आसल पचारि को आर्टिकल कोन नेक्स्ट डेट रे आसीबो ना पचारि म मन अछि पढ़ि जो नाम हां पति
Patri.
पत्री पत्र भलो करे टिके खोली थिबो हला जाओ नेक्स्ट
May please, your lordship, my lord. This is a petitioner, the farmer availed loan to the tune of up to 1,20,000 only.
यूको बैंक
UCO Bank.
फार्मिंग लोन
Farming loan. And now the amount reached at a 4,04,000,
you took
have-
which year
2005, my lord.
2005 रे हबनी
How is it?
2005 ରୁ 2023 हबनी
Again, ସେ ଅଫର୍ଡ କରିଥିଲେ 3,60,000 ଟଙ୍କା ତାକୁ ରିଜେକ୍ଟ କରିଦେଲେ now I'm ready to pay the NP amount as indicated amount in the
କେତେ କେତେ
4,05,000
you are ready to pay
already
Therefore,
1 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଇ ସାରିଲୁଣି
Copy today, sir.
will you take instruction
My
he is ready to pay if he is ready to pay then why unnecessarily you will this litigation should continue huh?
Take
You take the money and just
ବୋନା ଫାଇଲେ
give him
ଲକ୍ଷ
NOC
instruction.
land council the bank what is your name
Sunil Kumar Swai.
ତ ନାଟା କହିଲା ବେଳେ ଭାବୁଛ କି ଆଉ ଥରେ ମନେ ନାହିଁ ନାଟା
Senior one.
ନା ସିନିୟର ଟା ହଉଛି ସୁନୀଲ କୁମାର ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସ୍ୱାଇଁ ତମ ନାଁ
your name
Punil Kumar Swai.
Huh?
Punil Kumar Swai.
पुनिल
ସୁନୀଲ
Punil.
पुनिल
Aଜ୍ଞା.
କଣ पुनिल ମାନେ କଣ
Don't know.
Meaning is
Notice on
Nodi.
behalf of UCO Bank. And this the matter on 2nd August. To take just if since the land council for the first like the land council petitioner submits that he is ready and willing to pay back the loaned amount.
NPA amount.
Huh?
NPA amount. Loan amount पुणी आहुरी
Yeah. NPA amount माने गोटे कोन?
जो दिन NPA हे गल्ला से amount तापरे पुणी आहुरी interest
आपण बुझिले भल के बैंकिंग लॉ के पढंतु तार आसु दिस इज वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट आपण सबले बैंक केस करछन अरे एनपीए अमाउंट कहउछन एनपीए अमाउंट गोटे कोन एंटायर लोन अमाउंट आपण दोछन एनपीए अमाउंट कोन कहउछन लाख टका नेथिले परा
लक्षे 20,000 नहीं
लाख 20,000 एबे केते 4 लाख समथिंग हेजी तो एंटायर अमाउंट देबे आ एनपीए अमाउंट कोन एनपीए आपण केबेटू लोन देई नांती
लोन
इंस्टॉलमेंट केबेटू भर नांती
इंस्टॉलमेंट तो देइथिला जाइथिला जे सब पूरा अमाउंट चली छे एग्रीकल्चर लोन समस्त
एनपीए अमाउंट के कहउछन ताल this is loaned amount loaned LOANED amount loan amount hala use wording use re bahut meaning it means a lot of difference tikke yar side meaning badali jibo next hala kete kale that
second question
Second August.
hala take next
Item number 14.
14
Well, this is the matter. The petitioner appointed as a salesman in the Gram Panchayat, my lord, in 2013. And that is under Annexure 1.
Jogan Sayak.
No, my lord, salesman. And government took a decision that all salesmen of the Gram Panchayat will be Jogan Sayak. Then Gram Panchayat was not pulling or whatever the reason, he withdrawn their resolution. That we are withdrawing the resolution that this petitioner is no more a Jogan salesman.
Who
Then
would
Sarpanch of that time, 2013.
Sarpanch appoints them.
My lord. Then
Gram Sabha, in fact, Gram Sabha appoints.
Gram Panchayat, my lord.
Huh?
Then he withdrawn. Then, my lord, he approached this honorable court, and this honorable court passed an interim order in that favor. Thereafter, he is uninterruptedly continuing. But in 2023, due to so delay, the petitioner changed the lawyer because it is already 10 years and he is there only for 6,000 rupees and he couldn't be Jogan Sayak. So he changed the lawyer for anything it will be disposed of. Then as an old matter, it was listed. The newly engaged lawyer, who is a new entrant, I think perhaps, he withdrawn the writ application without understanding the repercussion of withdrawal. And that resolution under Annexure 1, which was withdrawing the appointment engagement of the petitioner.
Now, what is the implication of withdrawal?
Implication, my lord, that is my
Was there any liberty?
My lord, Annexure 12. Yes, liberty is there.
Liberty is there.
And therefore we put.
What is the order? What is the order?
Annexure 12, page 33. The entire period has been given that he has taken excessive amount and there will be no stock register. And that has been, my lord, withdrawal order is at Annexure 11, page 32. And he thought that he will file a better application stating Article 14, 16, everything, and that's why he has withdrawn.
Okay.
Annexure 11, page 32.
Okay, no issue. What is the issue now?
Issue is, my lord, Annexure 12, page 33. Now the entire period, now still he is working, but due to the withdrawal of that writ application, now he is...
that goes, that protection goes now. Interim goes.
Yes, that's why I'm before the lordship. In 2013, my lord, that resolution and government has stated several times that you give her everything and that will be, my lord, kindly see page 28.
What is the issue?
Issue is that, my lord, I am a salesman.
That I know. What is the issue? What is the crux of the matter? You are a salesman, I know.
After withdrawal of the writ application, previous writ application, they are terminating my service.
Naturally.
The executive officer.
The corollary is that.
That's why
that is the natural corollary. If you are withdrawing this, then not only it goes.
No, that's my lawyer's mistake. That's why
and your mistake, whose mistake? I am not concerned.
That's the system, my lord, new entrant lawyer. He thought
that is not on the case. That the authority should have considered. I am not considering these things.
My lord, your lordship is the only person that only this court can only consider this, my lord. This is the system. Somebody newly entrant doesn't know the repercussion of withdrawal of the.
What are the repercussion at the end of the government?
Government has given Annexure 12, page 33.
What happened?
That recovery of all amount. and because you have withdrawn that.
That's a natural
That's
corollary.
before your lordship, my
That's a
lord.
natural corollary.
That's why I'm before
What is
your
your prayer?
My prayer is to stay this and regularize me as Jogan Sahib.
More regularize can you?
No, government.
Ah,
My
you
lord, your
said,
lordship's
your
direct.
prayer is regularize me, that's your saying.
No, government, my lord, always
You should,
government.
to
It is not
pass
that
order to regulate, you should say.
It is a-
Regulate, I'm not
Sorry,
regulating.
my slip of tongue. It is the regulation from the government because government is time and again saying that you give his documents because only your lordship knows and day out and day in your lordship saying knows that how Sarpanch behaves and what they demands from Jogan Sahag and this. My lord, kindly see page 31.
Why this amount has been told to
Because my 2013 engagement was said to
Cancelled.
be
cancelled.
yes.
So you continue till what time?
Till now I'm continuing. And 2016, my lord, kindly see 2016, page 31. That your lordship can read ODI, my lord.
Why did they, what is the cause of action for the earlier round of litigation?
Because they have cancelled in 2013 when that is a Jogan Sahak scheme has introduced guideline that all salesmen will be Jogan Sahak by the government. At that point of time, the Deed and Sarpanch wanted, my lord, for whatever the reason, wanted something and he couldn't satisfy. That's why he recalled the resolution. And that resolution has been stayed by this honorable court. That is the, my lord, that is, everything is there. My lord, kindly see Annexure 1, page 11. That
Now
he
you
has,
are trying to reverse the clock now. The entire clock is again
no,
reversed.
it's not reverse. This is my
Yeah,
mistake.
this is reversed.
My lord, this is my mistake.
Your
would not-
mistake was a mistake. That now see the repercussion. You don't try
Yes,
to understand
that
the
for
repercussion.
the lawyer's
See,
mistake, client should not
maybe
suffer.
whose mistake I'm
My
not
lord,
on
kindly
that.
see page 31.
See, now the entire thing now is in a reversal,
No,
in a
no, no,
reverse
my-
clock.
Because
Clock is getting reversed now.
your lordship
How
cannot,
can
my
the
lord,
clock be reversed?
every day your lordship is protect. My lord, kindly see
No,
page
no.
31. My lord, for a moment. Page
I don't
31.
have any power.
My lord, page 31, my lord, kindly see for a moment.
This is, see,
My lord. Because my
now
lord,
at the crux of the matter is you have been disengaged by
that has been stayed.
the Sarpanch, right?
2013.
I'm not on this.
Ah.
In 2013, you have been disengaged. You came to this court
My lord.
challenging the order and court granted
My
stay.
lord.
Rightly and wrongly, you did not appear and they been dismissed.
No, no,
Oh, sorry, I'm so sorry. Withdrawn. Withdrawn.
no, not appeared.
Withdrawn.
Appeared by a new lawyer.
Whatever, but
Ah.
withdrawn.
Withdrawn,
So
not
whose
at my
mistake is this?
instance, not at my instance. Your lordship may tag up that matter. The lawyer, that has been seen, my lord.
This can't take the advantage of the
lord,
law's mistake.
That's why I'm before you. My lord, kindly see page 32. For a moment. My lord, for a moment. Kindly see.
So why this remuneration? Because they have paid money during that period. That's
During
what they're
that, but
asking.
I have worked.
At best, I can just request the authority to
Not
just
request, my lord. Your lordship, I will say that. Your lordship can
Roko, yes, whenever.
direct.
No, always not. That's not correct. ଯେତେବେଳେ ସବୁବେଳେ direct ବୋଲି ଭାବୁଛ, that's wrong. Court always cannot direct.
Mandamus,
Sometimes
my
you have to
lord, I
request
kindly
also.
show to
No,
them.
sometimes the court also request.
My lord.
Yeah, that is a mistake.
My
Always you think direct.
My
No,
lord.
there should be some.
We hope and believe that this honorable court will always take the.
No.
My lord, kindly
Even
see.
Supreme Court requests in many cases. Have you seen the Supreme Court also request to the trial court? Kindly conclude the trial within this time. And you know that? Do you know that? Then Supreme Court could have directed them. They're
Because
much below.
they could not complete the cases
Ah,
for years together.
No, nothing
My
like
lord, for a moment, your lordship,
that. Oh, see, just a minute. One thing can be done. All the amount to be recovered can be, we can tell them to just
no,
waive of it.
no, lordship, my lord, see,
Waiver can be requested.
yes, my lord. I just for a
Job
moment-
return is not.
No, just for a moment, I can say that if they have filed any counter in the previous case or not, I don't know, my lord. Page 21, my lord.
Now come to this case. I'm there
My
only.
lord, page 21.
At best, okay, take notice. Take notice of the waiver. Land Council of the state to take notice on the waiver of the amount, excess amount of remuneration taken during the period of you have taken excess remuneration of 1,47,000 above the approved monthly remuneration as approved by DPU Noapada, by order number 1002 dated 17/10/13 which is at annexer 12. You take notice on this, we'll see that.
Extra copy means.
Give me extra copy.
His lordship is passing everybody, there's no courtship action.
No, not on that.
hurts
Not
my
on
lord.
that.
Otherwise, in the village, that.
I know that, but your case is different, madam.
I.
You
that's what-
enjoyed the stay for so many years, suddenly we do.
No, why?
Whether whose fault, his fault.
Not
your
enjoying the stay. The state could not file the counter, and this honorable
But
could not
you
able to take
enjoyed
up.
the stay, na?
Because being frustrated by the first lawyer who could not able to.
All
take
the lawyers don't.
That's
blame
why this honorable court also has a
no, don't.
role to be pendency of these
Don't-
cases. This
don't-
is not
don't-
always with our side, my lord.
Don't blame the lawyer.
No, we're not blaming, but it is not always with our side. That side also, my lord, they are not taking
What
up. They are not.
talking and
No,
withdrawal
your
is our fault. Withdrawal is your fault. Why are you
That's-
blaming us?
My lord, your lordship
When you are
is-
seeking for withdrawal, we are granting withdrawal. After that, will come.
Because
No.
new
I was under intoxication. I wanted withdrawal.
New entrant could not
This-
know that, my lord.
You entrant
Lordship may-
are old.
He
See
thought
the
that,
repercussion.
yes.
The repercussion is that
I
a
exactly,
person, yeah,
exactly
that's
that.
why I can only say the waiving of the amount they can consider. If they consider. I
No,
can-
I exactly
can't put.
expressed the same view whatever lordship
Okay.
viewed. But
So-
he didn't understand anything. He is a salesman. He didn't understand. He has given to brief to an
All these
NLU
things,
pass
that's
out.
not, there's no ignorance of law is not an
That's
excuse.
exactly, my lord. He has given to one person who is a NLU pass out, and
And then you pass out like contact kar do.
he would thought that he will draft it better, but without knowing the ground realities. That is
ସେଇଥିରେ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁନି ସେ ସବୁ ଗପ ମୁଁ ଯାଏନି
ଆପଣ
କେସର ମ୍ୟାଟର ଆସନ୍ତୁ କେସର ମେନ୍ ହେଲା ଆଉ କିଏ ନେଲୁ ପାସ୍ ଆଉଟ୍ ହେଲା କୋଉଠୁ ହେଲା ଆଉ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ବଦଳ ବଡ
And this 10 years pendency, my lord, is not my creation. This honorable court dearth of
tendency
judges
is
and
not
all
I'm
that
saying.
thing. My lord, dearth of judges. And all that
Anyways,
thing.
you take instruction. I am not going to all this debate.
My lord,
next item.
your lordship may say
Next
that
item.
Item number
no
15.
coercive action at least.
List the matter of 9th August.
No coercive action till then, my lord. Till
No
then.
coercive.
And no coercive action so far as the excess amount is concerned, not
Obviously,
for the
I am
disengagement.
not on other action.
Yes, my lord.
Excess amount because
Or
now
your
clock can't be reversed.
Yes,
My-
your lordship
your
can
lordship-
wait, my lord, in,
Your lordship may observe that one.
No persuasion with respect to the recovery of the excess amount. Next.
May I please your lordship?
12. Huh?
My lord.
Next.
My lord, this is the transfer of the Gram Rojugar Sevak GRS matter, my lord. The petitioner who is working as Gram Rojugar Sevak in Sudda GP under Titlaghat block in the district of Balangir has been transferred to Tentuli Khunti GP under Gudbela block.
Distance
120 kilometers near about,
120 kilometers.
my lord. And my lord, he was earlier also thrice transferred. Now, my lord, with a meager amount of 8,000
Why
rupees.
transfer? Badmash.
On administrative exigency, they are writing, my lord, and your lordship in similar cases has been pleased to issue
Yeah, yeah.
notice. Has been pleased to issue notice to the opposite party and stay the.
No, I've been called the secretary
Today,
of
today it
the.
is there, my lord.
Huh?
Today, item number 26, it is there.
28, my matter, they have filed a counter, madam.
I have called the secretary
Yes,
because,
today it is
because
there.
this kind of policy they don't
Yes.
follow.
That is item number
The
20.
poor man is, why should he go to
26.
120 kilometers?
26.
Same block, it's okay.
My lord, and the petitioner had two daughters, my lord. They are.
Yeah,
proceedings
forget all
20.
this family business,
My
no.
lord, my lord.
Just, exigency is sufficient, no need to say two daughter, three
Hello.
daughter. Focus on the facts of the
My
case,
lord.
don't go to two daughters, two daughters are किसी link अच्छी तरह. The two daughters होगी पांचटा daughter हो कौन औसी दाला चाकरी तो
No, but
करते
ସେମାନେ ପଢୁଛନ୍ତି ସେ hostel ବି
So
ନାହିଁ କିଛି
what?
ନାହିଁ.
I'm just that's why
My
I'm because of see I have a meager amount of salary.
Meager
I'm
amount,
trying
my
to issue the issue.
Right.
Why should you go into all these things?
And the
That
original
matter-
notification
that
is
matter
that, my lord, the GRS should be
अरे भाई
posted.
वो notice तो दिया जाए notice
My
है
lord.
notice issue notice to opposite party number कहते हैं
Opposite parties number, my lord, 1 to 6, my lord.
1 to 6.
6 extra copies I will give.
1 to 6. Allowed consider the petitioner to solve extra copy in the consider the state. List the matter on 9th August.
Let's stay of annexure 1 as far as the petitioner is concerned. my lord.
Stay granted. Look at the stay. What is the order dated?
My lord, order dated 13/7/2023. Under annexure 1, order number 3278 dated
To get the
13/7.
operation of the order of transfer video order number 3278 dated 13/7/2023 passed by the collector Balangir. Copy number 2. Under annexure 1.
Obliged, my lord.
Next.
Item number 16.
My lord, same GRS matter, transfer, my lord, 35 kilometers have been transferred under annexure 1, my lord. My serial number is serial number 5 at page 6.
Same order. Same, if you notice.
There is a difference is only 35 kilometers.
Is it same block?
Same,
No, no.
Same block or different block?
Different block.
different
Different
block,
block.
but the distance is 35 kilometers.
35 kilometers, 9,240 rupees is the salary. And that is the consideration your lordship is deciding in 26. In 26, my lord, though your lordship granted stay order, staying the transfer, they are not allowing me to join also, to continue in service.
Let's see. We'll see, let the, this man, which item? This 26.
26.
We'll see that. Okay. Same order, similar order.
Stay also,
Stay.
Grateful.
Next,
17.
17.
File a petition for non-compliance of order dated 30/4/15.
What is that order?
My lord, page 15 annexed.
What is the order about?
My lord. Start from page 10, my lord, page 15, my lord. Admittedly, since the petitioners have worked, all the benefits of the scheme should be extended to them, both a junior teacher and regular primary school teachers, and all consequential
And
benefits.
the order was passed on which day? 2015.
My
They have not given.
And what has happened in the 2015, the order was passed.
Hmm.
Then my lord and friend has filed a IA for implementation of the order. While disposing of the IA, the honorable court has observed that no, we cannot entertain the IA. It is liberty to move a contempt petition. Now the contempt petition has been moving after 7 years.
Anyway, you just look into that, okay? Issue notice to the. Who is the contempt?
Opposite 1 to 4, my lord.
1 to 4. ସେ ଲୋକମାନେ ଏବେ ଅଛି ବି ଆଉ ସେ ଲୋକ ତ ରିଟାୟାର୍ଡ ବି କରି ଯାଇଥିବେ କିଛି ଲୋକ ସେ ଲୋକ ତ ଅଧା ରିଟାୟାର୍ଡ କରି ଯାଇଥିବେ ସମସ୍ତେ ସେ ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଥିବେ କି 15 ରେ ଯୋଉମାନେ ଥିବେ ସେ ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଏବେ ସେମାନେ ଥିବେ ଆଉ
My matter is that, my lord, the government filed a.
Sir, I am not on that. See, 2015 that you have filed it. At that
Not
time,
complied
X, Y,
with-
Z were in post. Now they might have been retired. They might have got transferred. I don't know.
In the meantime, the petitioners are disengaged from this service, my lord.
Sir, ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ କଥା ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ସେଟା ବୁଝୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଖାଲି ମୁଁ ସେଟା ପଚାରିଲି ମୁଁ କହିଲି ଯୋଉ ମାନଙ୍କୁ କଣ୍ଟେମ୍ନର କରିଛନ୍ତି ସେ ଲୋକମାନେ ଚାକିରିରେ ଥିବେ କି ରିଟାୟାର୍ଡ କରି ଯାଇଥିବେ କି ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର କି କୁଆଡେ ଆଉ କୋଉଠି ପଳେଇଥିବେ change the name that I'm saying.
Out of the petitioners, batch of petitioners, only one petitioner has approached in the contempt.
My lord.
Forget about that.
No.
Forget about that. One petitioner I am on that the contemptor ଯାହା ନାଁ କରିଛନ୍ତି ସେ ଲୋକ ଏଠି ଥିବ କି ନଥିବ କିଏ ଦେଖିଛି
ଯୋଉମାନେ ଥିବେ ସେମାନେ implement କରିବେ କିନ୍ତୁ number
ତା ତା ନାଁଟା ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିଦେଲେ ହବନି ସେ ପୋଷ୍ଟ କିଏ ଅଛି ତା ନାଁ ଲେଖିଦେବେ ଆପଣ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
contempt file on 20.
ସାର୍ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତୁ ଏବେ ଇଏ କଜ ଟାଇଟଲ ଟା ଚେଞ୍ଜ
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସାର୍ ଅଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆପଣ ତ ବୁଝିପାରିବେନି
ନା ସବୁ ମାଗିଥିଲେ
ଆପଣ ତ ସବୁ ମାଇକ୍ରୋସ୍କୋପ ଲଗେଇ ଡେଲି ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି କିଏ କୋଉ ପୋଷ୍ଟରେ ଅଛି ଆଉ 15 ରୁ ସେ ସେମ୍ ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଥିବ ନା ସେ ଲୋକ ଗୋଟେ ଅଦ୍ଭୁତ କଥା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ
ଏବେ ନାଁ ମାଗିଥିଲି ସେମାନେ ନାଁ ଦେଇଥିଲେ
ଏଇଟା କେବେ ବନିଛି
23 ରେ ଫେବୃଆରୀ 23 ରେ ଫାଇଲ
ସେ ଲୋକ ସେମ୍ ଜାଗାରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଏବେ ପକ୍କା
ସେ ପିଟିସନର ଦେଇଥିଲେ
ଲାଗେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଆଇ ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ମୁଁ କହିବା କଥା ହେଲା ଯଦି ଆପଣ ସେ ଲୋକ ନଥିବେ ବୋଲେ again it will go to a wrong person anyway issue notice to 1 to 3 4 5 6 7
1 to 4
8 କେତେ ଲୋକ କରୁଛନ୍ତି
1 to 4 ମ୍ୟାମ
1 to 4 ଖାଲି अब ଏତେ ଲୋକ କାଇଁ ପାର୍ଟି ବନେଇଛନ୍ତି ତାହେଲେ ଆଚ୍ଛା କଣ୍ଟେମ୍ପଟରେ କମ ପାର୍ଟି ଅଛି
କଣ୍ଟେମ୍ପଟରେ
ହେରା ରିପିଟିସନ ଓକେ 1 to 4 this is the matter on 23rd August next
Item number 18.
Lordship, firstly, I beg pardon. Lordship, I beg pardon not appearing before my lord physically because of my ill health. So, Lordship, can I continue?
Yes, yes, please.
Lordship, the dispute regarding the elected office bearer of All India OBC Railway Employees Association for 2020, 22, 2023. Lordship.
What is the grievance?
Let's say grievance is non-circulation of mine or our name of office bearer of the elected office bearer for the year 2020 to 2023 by the opposite party number 1, 2, 3. Though we have been certified as the elected office bearer by the authority, that is opposite party number 4, Lordship. So, Lordship, in that respect, for in a recent development, the opposite party number 4, the IGR and Register of Societies, was pleased to pass an order that I am filing in the shape of memo, Lordship. My associate is present there, Lordship. Lordship, kindly come to that order passed.
Sir, can you just give me a snapshot of the issue?
Lordship.
What is the issue?
Lordship, the present petitioner is the elected General Secretary of the AIO OBC.
You are the elected General Secretary then?
Lordship. Just it is a practice that our office bearer name is to be published in the circulation board of the by the opposite party number 1, 2, 3 railway authorities.
So railway authority need to publish. Okay, fine.
Lordship.
For that, they have not published.
They did not publish that.
So that is your problem.
Lordship, we came before this Honorable Court before.
Why you have not approached that authority? Why they are not publishing your name?
They thought that we are not elected office bearer.
Came thing?
Lordship, that's why we came again.
No, they thought what made them think like that? What made them think like that? You are not the office bearer.
Lordship, we are everything. We have got order from the registered IGR and registered of society.
What is the order? What is the order?
Lordship.
Show me the order.
Lordship. For a moment, Lordship. Lordship, kindly that election conduct that is the direction of the Inspector General of Registration cum Register of Societies Registration Act. In objection.
Sir, what is the order of that this election?
That answer. Actually, kind for a moment.
Sir, eta kai use karu naandi. Eta ko pai achi eta. Eta dekho do epore. Sine khali file epore sote korthu khali. Eta lagele apna easy honta na nahi.
That kindly come to page 35, Lordship.
35.
Right. Lordship, this is the order filed in objection case number 88 of 2017. That was between this current the General Secretary and another person was posed himself as the General Secretary.
What is your name?
Lordship, our name is M. Satyanarayan.
What is your name written?
M. Satyanarayan, Lordship.
Put lagai ji order re, ko paragraph re.
Lordship.
Elected General Secretary put lagai ji
kindly come to Lordship page.
Show me the paragraph where it has been stated that you are the elected General Secretary. Once you show me, your job is over. Then my job starts. Show me. सर पढ़ी के आसंतु एमती करिया टाइम वेस्ट करंतुनी मोर फाइल आपण गोटे छोट 5-10 पेज रे फाइल रे आनुछथि केने केने खोजुछन 3 घंटा जाय
Kindly keep it till next week, so that I am not. That's it.
फाइल रे पढ़ी के आसंतु सर गोटे केस टे करबे एते आपण को आमे आपण निजे प्रिपेयर के नसबे किंदी हो
I beg pardon, Lordship.
यस यूज दिस
Lordship.
यूज करंतु फटफट बारिबो
I beg pardon, Lordship.
डे आफ्टर टुमारो
On Monday, Lordship.
ओके मंडल आपण के कोठी आपण जीती छंती लेखा है देखांतु
Lordship.
then only I can do anything otherwise I can't pass any order
Lordship, I will argue before Lordship physically.
argue करंतु मना नहीं किंतु आपण मेन जिंस धरि के देखियो where is the document which says that you are the elected duly elected I say duly elected general secretary
Lordship,
खाली elected नहीं duly माने statutorily
Lordship.
you have been elected under the statute and recognized that is duly hala
Okay, Lordship.
ना देखा
Lordship, my memo may be kept on record. Lordship.
okay Mr. Alok Kumar Das okay next
Mobilize.
Item number 19.
Your Lordship, Mr. Rajit Rai is not for the SDFC housing finance.
yes
So.
you are not taking somebody else is there
Yes, he has returned it.
okay fine he told me that
Yes.
okay
That, notice may kindly be issued so that.
let notice go to this manager housing development finance corporation HDFC bank plot number 98 third floor unit 3 Kharwala Nagar behind Kesari Takis Bhubaneswar district Khorda address
Your Lordship, no coercive action should be taken till they appear at least.
आपण petitioner पे
Yes.
मु अदु तांगा संग रहथिले
I'm for the petition.
what is the no coercive action
Them because already.
case account कहले
Pardon?
case study कहले आपण तो
हाँ
party
केसटा
ना अलगा अलगा
आज्ञा
कहले
केसटा
ठीक
नहीं केसटा होची जे हमें 13 लाख टका लोन नै छु 13 लाख टका फर्स्ट लोन नै थिलु 17 मसिया रे तापर पुनी अगेन वी टुक
stop there
हां
13 लाख टका लोन
13 लाख 17 लाख टका आई हैव टेकन
तू हां तू ठीक मोर
हाँ,
क्वेश्चन
yes.
के सुनंतु मो क्वेश्चन सुनले आपण आंसर 2 मिनिट रे केस सरी जीवो
कौन सर
आपण को वे रे चलले आधा घंटा देबी केस सरी
आज्ञा।
सेति में मो आंसर जस्ट
Yes.
फट केस सरी जीवो
आज्ञा
काना गोटे केस रे पॉइंट हाल ने गोटे के फाले पॉइंट था
यस
आपण ने बुली
Yes, sir.
टुली राउंड जिलेबी बने बने ताको आधा घंटा था
नो नो यस सर
किछि ने गोटे मिनिट रे केस सरीबो
यस सर
आपण नेले 13,70,000 to 522 हला
यस
you paid the your EMI
यस
till what time you paid the EMI
till 17th January 2022 I have paid around 6,76,000
सर मो को EMI रेगुलरली केते दिन केबे NP हैला पचरची आउट शॉर्टकट सवाल NP केबे हैला कोन
NPA हला October 2022 रे
अक्टोबर 2022 ता अर्थ ता 3 मास पूर्व आपण देवाटा बंद कर दिस
नहीं ये मैं NPA हला जनवरी रे बट अक्टोबर रू बंद करछि दवा पे
से तुम पचर
NPA जनवरी रे
NP जनवरी
23
तो एटा आपण रिक्वेस्ट करके काई रेगुलराइज कर दो नाती NPA 2023 सब पैसा 2023 माने तार 3 मास पूर्व रू आ इंटरेस्ट टिल डेट जहा होची सब देई रेगुलराइज कर दो नाती
मतलब 1 मंथ टाइम देले रेगुलाइज कर देबे
या बैंक न पचरे मु की दे टाइम देबी
ठीक है
I always told bank matter I am only Kaji Mia Bibi आपण बैंक
let them appear then
Kaji can't do anything Kaji राजी नाले काजी कोनटा करियो
yes sir
I am only Kaji remember कोर्ट किछि कर दे बोली भाबन दिन
नहीं that
I only facilitate
yes sir
that's all तो आपनकर टोटल केते आउटस्टैंडिंग होची एबे
एबे आउटस्टैंडिंग होची अराउंड 18 to 19 lakhs
ए फर्स्ट लोन सेकंड लोन
तो दीटा बेसिकली 19 lakhs
सेकंड लोन केते
सेकंड लोन 6 point
एनपी के बेला
सेकंड लोन से सब हो गेला गोटे समय रे जनवरी रे हला जनवरी 23 रे हां
सेटा केते तो अमाउंट नै थिले
6,25,000
6,25,000 अच्छा तो गोटे काम करनु इश्यू नोटिस टू द बैंक फर्स्ट ए बैंक पर आपण रेडी जानतु बैंक रेगुलर नोट ये आपनकर किछि कोन नोटिस आसी
नोटिस सरफेस से ऑक्शन पे जाइतला
अरे एते दूर पळेला से पट्टा कहू नांती आपण
ना मु कहितले
सेटा कहना
ऑक्शन पे जाय ऑक्शन पे पेपर नोटिफिकेशन हिची किंतु के आसीना पार्टी पर
सरफेस ये गलानी
हां
किछु करियो बन ताले They can't now, can't be regularized. The stage ऊपर को पड़ेगा नहीं अपना regulation stage बाहर को पड़ेगा नहीं अपना इतने दिन तो कोड सुतले जितने सांग सांग ले जाके regularize कर देते थे तिले तिले 7 जुलाई मास में मखटा दिन तो भागीला अपना क्या फाइल करे अपना
এটা আমি এপ্রিল মাসে ফাইল করছি
एप्रिल मास फाइल सांग सांग मेंशन कर लगेले नहीं
ন্যাশনাল এমএমএস রে
हां कौन हला
মতে কিছু ইনস্ট্রাকশন সাসপেন্স ক্লায়েন্ট বাদে এবং টাইম টেনলি
टाइम नहीं था तो हां कौन करी मैं ଏବେ तार मेंशन कलेनी आ मुझे एते जिंस मेंशन करछनी एते अर्जेंट कर का मेंशन कलेनी मते मेंशन समझ में एलो
সরি
let the bank come I can't help you sorry issue notice to opposite party by registered post hala list the matter I'll give you a short date hala I don't know what is I have to find out from the bank I can't help you
this month end
27th hala अपन immediately requisite file कर जल्दी पठान हला बैंक वाला आसे अपन स्कोप बाहर को गला पर कोर्ट को आसी पूरा सब सरी जेथियो तापर कोर्ट को आसी आया टिके टाइम टिके कोर्ट रे भी तो लिमिटेशन अछि हमर हां से कोर्ट सब कर देबो हां सरफाइस से लागला पर हमर किछि हाथ त मारिबो ने हमें हां दैट इज द एक्ट स्टैट्यूट पढी चंदी स्टैट्यूट बोल करी हां सेतरे कोर्ट रे इंफॉर्मेशन स्कोप अछि हां जहां से तळ से ये जेति की नेक्स्ट
Item number 20.
20
May I please allow? On the last occasion, that is on 3rd of July, your lordship, which
On the last occasion, your lordship has directed the state to obtain a specific instruction regarding the guideline meant for executive compensation payable to LRS.
Death due to COVID.
We have sought for that instruction, it has not come.
To
due to COVID-19.
COVID-19.
Your lordship may direct the open number 3 to
आपण
take
अप्लाई करथले पोर्टल रे
मानो हां हां मु देखि छि किछि मिलन खाली गोटे नोटिफिकेशन अछि दैट
पोर्टल रे करछथि कि तांकर सिस्टम जे पोर्टल रे आपण अप्लाई करिवे
ना पोर्टल अप्लाई कर
ता सेडा पोर्टल रे देखु ना अग्री गुटे केस आछले सेडा पोर्टल रे आपण अप्लाई न करले सेडा करिवेनी
I will apply.
You may not be able to do because सब लोग जानते नहीं, but it can take the help somebody and get it done.
The lordship may give us liberty so that.
You can give liberty. Capital death कौन है किन दोगी?
एइथरे जेहेतु I have already made submitted representation.
क्या पोर्टल करी कॉन्फ़िगरेट करू न थे तो सब लोग पोर्टल परिवे गांव गरीब लोग को पोर्टल ले जीवा करिवे. Should have some alternative method also. Poor person will go to portal and upload कि ता portal upload कर से 5000 नोट ठगी नहीं थी वैसे लोगों का जे portal upload कर दे बोले किसी नहीं थी मरता क्या ना करता पैसा तो मिलेगा बेचारा 5000
जाना है petition का भी example for one अपन जहाँ कहउचन से ये लोग को मु देखी ची से किसी जाने नहीं
बहुत लोग का सेंटी है जो ना portal upload 21 portal upload अपन निजे कर परिए
हाँ से
होगा ना अपन निजे कर परिए portal रे इतने complicated method था very difficult. This is they are unnecessarily making things complicated. तमर तो सर्टिफिकेट इशू करिवे सर्टिफिकेट इशू देखिबो सर्टिफिकेट कोविड रे मरती दे देबो एते पोर्टल ये से एते कॉम्प्लिकेट का करती छाड़ यदि पैसा देई पारो ना काई डिक्लेयर करछु कोविड ले एते दे दे डेथ दे दे डिक्लेयर का करछु ताल ओके लेट हिम टेक इंस्ट्रक्शन है टेक इंस्ट्रक्शन विद इन 1 week 3rd August. Next.
Item number 23.
23. 21 bra.
21.
आपने मेंशन कर दिले पर थी.
Sir, first item re I have received copy.
हाँ.
I'll file a counter.
Okay.
And I undertake.
You want to file the agenda?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the first item WPC 14970. Land counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Nath. 2 weeks time to file the agenda.
Yes, madam.
Okay. List the matter. 14th for them.
2 and 3, madam.
And the in 8943 the same.
No, sir. No, sir, I'm a petitioner.
8943.
I have served copy, so he may file counter.
The opposite party.
My lord, Nath is the opposite party there.
Alright,
And the opposite party, my lord.
you file their counter. Again, say
And
16th.
Three and three
Yes,
notes.
yes, alleging of the same case, my lord.
8945.
Third matter,
What is the first matter, my lord?
third matter, your lordship, I have filed requisites late. So lordship may accept it and notice late, notice go.
Okay. Required file is proof.
Yes, sir.
Okay, required has already been filed. Let the registry to proceed accordingly. है ना?
And last duita item, interim order will continue.
And entry order will continue in 18943 or 8944.
If lordship is fixed it to 14th, maybe it will be too early because.
16th I'm saying. Okay, I'm fixing on 23 then.
That will be better.
23rd August.
My lord.
Next,
Item number 23.
23.
May I please your lordship? That is your lordship, government may be instruction on order dated 3/7/2023.
What is the order?
And that is Land and Consular State directed to the take the instruction regarding the sanction of the amount of the present petitioner, my lord.
You have taken instruction?
Our instruction has not come yet.
Not come. Land Consular the state takes 1 week time to get the instruction. List the matter on 10th.
My
August.
lord, last chance may be given, my lord.
Yeah, it's the
because-
last chance. It's the last chance. Okay, it's the last chance. Next,
24.
24.
I am for the opposite party in one. There's a 4 numbers of writ application, my lord. The first case, my lord, that is 20163. I have filed, and that case, by direction of this honorable court, 4 writ application has been tagged.
What
That
is the
my
case?
grievance-
Four application.
Previously, there is 20, there is advertisement. Pursuant to the advertisement, there is selection was conducted. And 50, out of 20 posts is there. Out of 20 posts, 15 posts were 15 numbers of people are found successful in the selection test. And out of 15, they have nobody was appointed because of the order of this honorable court, they subject to result of the writ application. And thereafter, my lord, in one case, as per my lord's direction, out of 15, they have given appointment in favor of 20 numbers of selected candidates.
The second advertisement.
First advertisement. They have already given 11 numbers of successful candidates out of 15. And I am for the 4 selected candidates. My responsible submission.
What is the total vacancy?
Total vacancy 20.
20.
They have selected 15. And on the 15, 11 already appointed. I am the 4th. 4th person, I am on behalf of the 4th person. My responsible submission.
What is your rank?
Within my selection, my 1-7. Rank 7 अच्छी 12-13-14. ତେଣୁ ମୋ ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ଭିତରେ ଅଛି ମୋ ପିଲା ବି ଜୁନିୟର ବି ପାଇଗଲେଣି ସେ ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଅଛି ସାର୍ ଆଉ ଟିକେ ହେଇଛି କଣ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ନୂଆ ଆଡଭର୍ଟାଇଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଆସିଲାଣି ଯୋଉ ଫ୍ରେଶ ଆଡଭର୍ଟାଇଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଆସିଲା ବେଳକୁ we apprehend that we 4 may not get. For that reason came before lordship. This is my case before lordship. In between my lord, one case on already withdrawn. First case already withdrawn. That is 28,170 of this already withdrawn. So that is 2 selected candidates were challenged. So they are not free. Now only.
So let the first, in the first, who is the first? In the 20163, you are the petitioner?
20163, I am for the petition.
You are for the petition.
This is my grievance.
So you want to say that the advertisement was published in the year
2020 under Annex 2. Annex 2. 14 was 2020. That is Annex 2, page 18. My first case, my lord. 20160.
Page 18.
Page 18 is the advertisement dated 14/1/2020.
Gramya Unnayan Sanstha.
Gramya Rozgar Sevak. My lord, kindly see the vacancy position, that is 20. And the scheduled caste 13 and scheduled tribes 7. All are scheduled tribe. My candidates are all are scheduled tribe. 4 are scheduled tribes. Then my lord, kindly see the selection list. Start from page 21. Annex 3. So next 3, page 21, serial number 7, Anushya Nag. One is Anushya Nag, another is 13, 14 and 15. Next page 22, page 30, serial number 13, Prashant Kumar Malik.
What is the ground for that?
Your Lordship, we were the first petitioners who had approached this honorable court, Your Lordship. That is in writ petition number 27808 of 2020. Our only ground was, Your Lordship, the annex, the advertisement in 2020 specifically mentions down that merit will be the only consideration for selecting the candidates, Your Lordship. Subsequently, in the counter of...
You are also from the reserved category.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You all are reserved category.
Yes, Your Lordship. All are reserved category candidates. Your
So merit, of course, the only criteria. What
Yes, Your Lordship. But subsequently, the opposite parties have introduced a computer test, Your Lordship. And that was beyond the scope of the advertisement, Your Lordship.
That
So
was
now
challenge.
the order of
That
merit.
was challenge.
Yes, Your Lordship. That
Then
is
what happened?
in that application, Your Lordship, by order dated 4/11/2020, this honorable court was pleased to pass an order that as an interim measure, it is directed that the operation of annexure 4, as in the provisional list, shall be subject to the result of the writ application, Your Lordship. So whatever happens to the 2020 advertisement selection process, Your Lordship, I am having caveat for for the present petitioners. That is 2 in number, Your Lordships. So our only ground of challenging the provisional list was even that the opposite parties cannot go beyond the scope of the advertisement and beyond the criteria of the advertisement to decide the merit, Your Lordship.
So you want to say that, I mean, in the advertisement, the test thing was not there.
Test is not there.
That came later.
That came later, Your Lordship. And in the advertisement, Your Lordship, it is
So
specifically
that
mentioned.
is what you are, that is also there.
That is the ground. That is the main ground of challenge, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Computer proficiency is only qualifying in nature and shall not count for determining the order of merit, Your Lordship. But while publishing the provisional select list, Your Lordship, the opposite parties have considered computer proficiency as the order of merit. So that was our whole
That is challenge. Now, and whatever the other writ petition?
The other writ petitioners, Your Lordship,
They challenge what?
have been withdrawn. Some of them have been withdrawn due to passage of time.
He has not made party to any petition.
Your Lordship, I did not make a party because
Has
I
not
was
made
challenging the provisional list, Your Lordship. When I was challenging the provisional list, why will I make the present petitioners a party to that? At that point of time, they had not been selected also.
So, are you?
My lord, only thing, my lord.
Or you have filed the reply?
Yes, Your Lordship.
I have
Count-
already filed.
What do you want to say?
In this case, my lord, your lordship may take it tomorrow. I'll need some time for further instruction, madam.
यार कोई तो केस आर्ग्यू करो यार आप लोग सब अगर दिस साइड और दैट खाली टाइम लेते जाओ मैं बैठ के बस
Your
मुझे
lordship,
नींद आ जाता है ऐसे नहीं
your lordship may take it tomorrow, madam. Because in that counter, the
केस लागी is hearing by not for taking time, sir.
my lord,
What is
the
this?
counter in the counter which we have filed, we have not replied the appointment taken by my lord's sister. So I'll take.
So how did you file the counter then?
My lord,
You have not
I'll just take.
taken
I'll just,
that
what I pray, my lord. I'll just take 1 day of time. Let it
Monday,
come.
Monday.
Monday.
Well, for final hearing Monday. I want to finish the matter. That's why I deliberated told to list more matters of this category. Unnecessary policy. Good minute surgery matter. If you cooperate, I will finish in 2 minutes. Good matter 2 minutes. I'm खाली गपिले अधिक लागे ना एणे तेणे जाउतो गुटे पॉइंट थिबो हार्डली गुटे पॉइंट थिबो सेति को टच करबे साइंस मैटर खत्म आ चारि आडे एपटे पडुतबो सेपटे पडुतबो सेडा देखुतबो सेटा को 30 तो लगा कोन फायदा बे किछि लाभ नै सेही अप्रोच मोटे नै शॉर्टकट कम टू द पॉइंट फिनिश इट unnecessary खाली पढिले कोन हो
Only my pray, my lord, one thing, the present advertisement shall not acted upon till final decision. Present advertisement.
Present कोड
Present एबे नुआ advertisement कर
आपण फाइल करछिन कि
हां सेउटा फास्ट केसटा पा मुसे चैलेंज कर
2020.
एटा
एटा एडजस्टेड इन इज फास्ट सेकंड आउट नुआ एडवर्टाइजमेंट करले
कोड हेडा
नुआ आउट एडवर्टाइजमेंट कर दिछ
2020 टा
हां
23.
आउ ता परे कर नांती ना
ता परे नहीं से नहीं 20 रे हला ताबे 23 जोटा करछन ताको कहउची नॉट टू एक्टेड
तो सेटा आपण फाइल करछन
हां सेउटा बस फास्ट केसटा 20163 20163 it shall not be acted upon till Monday. How?
12.
I have no case at all.
20163.
Yes, yes. That is the second advertisement.
This is page kite.
Advertisement that annexure 1, page 11.
यार ये सरकार भी कमाल गया यार इतना एक के बार एडवर्टाइजमेंट करते जाते हो
गोटे काम कले हे जिवो ये सिलेक्टेड कैंडिडेट दियंतु आ 5टा पोस्ट अछि एटा कंसीडर पे रखिबे आ कोन एले हिया सॉरी यार
हां भाई
ये जो माने सिलेक्टेड हे चंदी दे शुड गिव ऑफर्स अपॉइंटमेंट
हां भाई को खुशी रे डिसाइड करनी है जे आपण जा के भी ता
सिलेक्टेड हे
नथिंग मो डिसाइड करे कोन हे जे दिस न देखि रे आपण नथि कर देबे
since some of the lead person are withdrawn,
there
is no bar to consider.
Merit
My lord, we have a very good case.
Maybe if somebody very good case, very good, very bad. Upon the very good case. Every lawyer says my case is very
I am satisfied.
Ko Bapa Mako, much kharabu, some of the body have every lawyer says my case is very good. So anyway,
Monday.
किसी हमारी मैंने किसी एक्टेड करी भी नहीं डन करी
हाँ ठीक है
आसु Monday रस
आगे
come with your all of you with the written note
Yes, Your Lordship. Date chart.
give us date chart नहीं note argument note date chart plus argument note 1 2 3 4 5 like this with page reference एक argument रा कोड जैसी point भी को page reference देवे सेमती give the date chart खाली धर्म को आखि ठार एमती date chart मोर दरकार नहीं date chart देवे perfect date chart
मतलब Monday
next
25.
Your Lordship, I have gone through the insurance policy in detail.
You got that?
Yes.
Oh.
Section 1 of Unicorn Insurance Policy, Section 1(6) says that it includes storm, cyclone, typhoon, tempest, hurricane, tornado, flooding, inundation, earthquake, fire. More actually COVID-19 death. COVID nahi agya kintu on 15th March 2020 Government of India declared COVID-19 as a disaster.
Sir, आपनकर policy रे सेटा include हेची की
ना policy तो ला है नहीं COVID-19 ला गया pandemic था परे है ला
pandemic जे declare कला वाले आपण government रे आपनकर insurance का वाला ये सेटी
नहीं जेहेतु petitioner's husband died सेट पे मु कहूची ना ताप सेतरो तो COVID फोड़ किछ नथिला 19 रे गया किछ COVID नथिला
से कोदरे COVID रे मले
COVID रे मरची COVID-19 सर्टिफिकेट अछि गया
COVID रे insurance policy जदि COVID रे करा जदि policy कला नथिबो एटा केमति कवर हबो
नथिला किंतु आगे subsequently आगे
government
life insurance council
government देले
life insurance
लगे छली
आगे
लगे छली एतरे
नहीं लगे नेटा life insurance corporation to decide
पेपर आगे पेपर कटिंग रो दरिया से पेपर कटिंग रो किछ माने
नहीं एटा मु डाउनलोड कर पेपर कटिंग मो एडी मु
हां पेपर कटिंग
मते के लिटिल टाइम देले मु दे देबे आगे डॉक्यूमेंट
हां एटा कहू गूगल रे ओडा काडी के
नहीं मु डॉक्यूमेंट संगे मगे
पूरा डॉक्यूमेंट ऑफिशियल
मते के टाइम देले 2 वीक्स टाइम के देले मु देबी डॉक्यूमेंट देबी
रो मु पढ़े के कोन लिखा ऑल लाइफ इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज इंक्लूडिंग पब्लिक एंड प्राइवेट विल process any death claim pertaining to COVID-19 at all the earliest industry body life council ना स्टोरी आपण गोटे काम कर लाइफ इंश्योरेंस काउंसिल रो वेबसाइट को जिबे
आज्ञा
सेतरे से नोटिफिकेशन थिबो ताको लेखंतु
हां लेखमु
आज्ञा लेखंतु काढिबे तार वेबसाइट को जाके काढिबे
आज्ञा
आ सेतरे जो कोविड इज आल्सो डेथ क्लेम कैन आल्सो बी हैड फ्रॉम कोविड तार नोटिफिकेशन दे क्लिक करियो से जो डिटेल नोटिफिकेशन नहीं आसी बिकॉज़ दिस पेपर नोटिफिकेशन दिस इज नॉट an authentic one but this will gives you some idea of course life insurance council हाँ अब से notification दिया तो देखिए है ना
आगे
we have to rely on that ना I will pass order accordingly अगर एंती आपण कोई
नहीं मु देबे मते केते 1 week time देले भी I can
land council for the petitioner to get the notification by a life insurance council regarding COVID regarding the claim for death due to COVID. This is the matter on 2nd August. Yes. Next,
Item number 27.
26 तक है दीटा 27
6
से ऑर्डर टा दे दे तू
हाँ से सेटा आसी 78 of 15 हला चैलेंज से अवार्ड
ओ आसिन
हाँ से जो पाइपिंग एरो हे गला
हालांकि अब कोई दो लेक्स ठीक है
सर इंटरवल टू कंटिन्यू टिल द नेक्स्ट डेट जो पैरा 4 रे as an interim measure there will be stay operation of the operator under annex 4 till the next date अपन कोट करना थिले इटा करेक्शन हैला परे हबो तो आई परे इट मे कंटिन्यू टिल द नेक्स्ट डेट
ठीक है
आपण हियरिंग सर फिक्स कर देबे आसला बात रे मासे भीतर आई विल 15 मसिया केस नोट पर टेक रिव्यू हां 15 रो केस नेक्स्ट डेट रे सर man provided LCR comes our hearing को सर पकड़ लो
Item number 30.
ARBA.
An urgent copy. An urgent copy. I have to send to the executing court. हाँ नहीं डाउनलोड कर दिए सीधे करेक्ट करना पड़ेगा पर तेरे आउट के एंट्री मोड एक्शन कला दीटा देखो सर
अच्छा what is this case about?
File item 30 my lord. Last occasion your lordship directed to insert all the relevant provision of the contract and evidence which we are referring to. That has not been prepared my lord. I pray for next week any day.
I have passed this order.
Orally directed also without referring to all those documents. Your lordship
they have efforts. They are relaxed.
Have I passed?
They have relaxed certain documents that has not been proper format accordingly or not.
You want to file it?
Accordingly, that is not required. The case of 37.
37
तब से evidence और आने की unnecessary कर जोंती
खाली झगड़ा करेगा था 37 में कौन था ये
अभी हम चीज़ मो
कौन ऑर्डर कौन ले थिलु
ऑर्डर से स्पेसिफिक किसी न थिला लेकिन खाली ने को से ग्राउंड अर्जन हितला I am for the
आनंद लाइक लाइसेंस कोड कौन दरकार था देखिए not necessary though he wants to take that 3rd August
31.
अरे इटा मो पाकर आसी बनी छड़े जाओ now I'm not what is this for
disposal
फिर कब आसी
cost what है
cost देई ना
ना पेंडिंग अछि
cost देबे ना हो
तो सरी जाओ देबे अरे पेंडिंग अछि फॉर अपेक्स को
काई पेपर को ना दिसी
आई हां 4 या 8 को अछि फॉर हियरिंग
now list the matter on 30th August लगे दे नहीं 4 8 तो
हां
16 August को दे ठीक है next
32.
33 your lordship. I may refresh your lordship's memory that a ex gratia compensation on death by explosion of a gas cylinder. Your lordship directed me to obtain that a circular and guidelines of IOCL and HPCL that the liability may go up to 50 or 60 lakhs.
Yeah.
That your lordship has kept it in mind. Your lordship directed me. I searched.
So you have got it?
I got it as I filed it.
You
That
filed
is
before
50
the
lakhs.
authority?
Already I have filed.
नहीं सेटा आपण सेठी भी अप्लाई करले IOCL पाखर भी अप्लाई करछली
नहीं IOCL आपण कति की आछि
नहीं मु तो ठीक है आपण IOCL भी अप्लाई करबी ना
हां नहीं आपण डायरेक्शन देबे
नहीं नहीं मु डायरेक्शन कहि देबी एटा आपण निजे सर IOCL रो आपण पार्टी ए रिपिटिशन रो सबमिट मटे
अच्छा मु से
आपण एक्स्ट्रा आईडिया दे देली
आगे added with it with your lordship permission. Also I am entitled
IOCL को भी अप्लाई करंतु
again
they will also you will get more money from them.
Acha added with it I am before your lordship for ex gratia compensation by the state government. That also I have filed before your lordship.
Government रो जो policy टा देखिए
Again, 4 lakh ମୁଁ ଦେଇଛି annex at running page 40 ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ
30
40 40
ମତେ ଗୋଟେ କପି ସାଇଜ
ଆପଣ ହଁ ମୁଁ କପି ଦେଇଦେବି
40
ଗୋଟେ copy ଦେବେ, Union of India.
ହଁ ୟୁନିୟନ ଅଫ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ହଁ ଦେବି
40
ସିଏ ବି 4 ଲକ୍ଷ ଦେବେ ଷ୍ଟେଟ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ
ହଁ ତ ମାଲା ମାଲା ଆପଣ ସେଠୁ 50 60 ଏଠୁ 4 ବଢିଆ ତା ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ଲୋକ ତାକୁ ମାନେ ତାକୁ ଭୁଲି ବି ଯିବେ ପଇସା ବାଲା ଭୁଲି ଯିବେ
ସେ ନା ଫିକ୍ସ କରିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଷ୍ଟେଟ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ 4 ଲକ୍ଷ ସବୁ ଯାକ ମୁଁ ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛି
କୋଉଠି ଆପଣ ସେ ପେଜ 40
ହଁ ପେଜ 40
ଆଇ ମୁଁ ପାଉନି
ଆଜ୍ଞା ପେଜ 40 ରୁ ରନିଂ ପେଜ 40 ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ କନସୋଲିଡେଟେଡ ପ୍ଲେନ ଦେଇଛି ଆପଣ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଆମେଣ୍ଡମେଣ୍ଟ କରିଛି ଆଇଓସିଏଲ କୁ ପକ୍ଷ କଲି ଆପଣ ଅରିଜିନାଲ ରିଟ୍ରେ ନାହିଁ
ଆଇଓସିଏଲ ପକ୍ଷ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ ଏସଗ୍ରେସିଆଲ ଆଇଓସିଏଲ ମୁଁ ଖାଲି ଆପଣ ଏକ୍ସଟ୍ରା ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ ଦେଇଦେଲି ଆଇଓସିଏଲ ରୁ ବି ଆପଣ ପାଇ ପାରିବେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଆଇଡିଆ ଦେଇଦେଲି ଆଉ ବାକି ଆଇଓସିଏଲ ର କିଛି କାମ ନାହିଁ
ନାଇଁ ଆଇଓସିଏଲ
ଏକ୍ସଗ୍ରେସିଆଲ ଆଇଓସିଏଲ ର କି କାମ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ନାଇଁ ଏକ୍ସଗ୍ରେସିଆରେ ଷ୍ଟେଟ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଛି ସେଇଟା ତାକୁ ବି ମୁଁ ପକ୍ଷ କରିଛି ସେଥିରେ ବି ଆନେକ୍ସ କରିଛି ଆଚ୍ଛା ରନିଂ ପେଜ 40 ସେ ଗୋଟାଏ ଜୁନ ମାସରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ 150 ଲୋକଙ୍କର ସେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ କେବଳ ବର୍ଣ୍ଣିଂ କେସ୍ ଇଏ ଫାୟାର କେସରେ ଆଉ
ଫଣ୍ଡ ସାଂକ୍ସନ ରିଲିଜ ସ୍ପେଶାଲ
ସବୁ ଯାକ ଦେଇଛି ମୁଁ ଲିଷ୍ଟ
ଫାୟାର ଟା ସାର୍
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଗ୍ୟାସ ସିଲିଣ୍ଡର ଫଟାଟା କୋଉଠି ଅଛି
ନାଇଁ ଏଇ ତ ଫାୟାର ଆପଣ ଗ୍ୟାସ ସିଲିଣ୍ଡର ଆପଣ ଫାୟାର ମାନେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସେ ଭାଇ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ଲୋଜନ
ଗ୍ୟାସ ସିଲିଣ୍ଡର ପାଇବା କଥା
ଗ୍ୟାସ ସିଲିଣ୍ଡର
I have a small suggestion, my lord. The lordship may dispose of the writ petition with a direction to the petitioner to approach both the state government, so also the IOCL, along with a representation.
IOCL is not in subject matter. IOCL ମୁଁ extra ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଥିଲି ତାକୁ କହିଦେଲି.
It is a representation ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ along with this circular indicating all the facts.
Given IOCL se ଦେବେ. IOCL ପାଇଁ I am not on that. On this, you take instruction on this.
Let my learned senior may be directed to serve a copy of the consolidated
the state is petitioner to serve a copy of the Council of the State.
Union of India, my
Council of the State shall take instruction regarding the ex gratia compensation on account of blasting of gas cylinder.
Again.
Already Union of India
further submits that since the fire is a category in which the ex gratia payment is sanctioned, hence the case of the petitioner shall squarely cover under fire. And Council of the State to take instruction as to whether the petitioner's case can be covered under fire or not. I have made party to ISL also.
हाँ मु
consolidated रे कले
आपण अलगा करंतु सर
हाँ मु इन द मीन टाइम नहीं मु अलगा मु रिप्रेजेंटेशन करी छि कि करी भी मु तांगु
से रिप्रेजेंटेशन ना दियंतु नहले से अलगा फाइल करिवे
मु देले त आई विल कम बिफोर लॉर्डशिप
तेनो एथरे किछि विषय
नहीं एता कर मु इन द मीन टाइम आई फाइल रिप्रेजेंटेशन
आपण सेठी अप्लाई करंतु
मु आडे कर दे
along with your everything detail दे दो
कर देल मु आपको भी इंफॉर्मेशन दे
सेठी न पाइले आसी
आगे आगे मु सेठी आपन कहू
बहुत लोक जानी नाहंती जे गैस से गवर्नमेंट 50 की 60 लाख दिए बोली जानी नाहंती
आईओसीएल
दिए बोली जानी नाहंती बिकॉज़ आईओसीएल वाला एडवर्टाइजमेंट करंती एते कथा करबे ए उजाला वो ये लेकिन लोक मरि गेले केते पाइले सेटा दियंदिनी ना सेटा देले काले लोक मागिबे केते लोक मरले जानंदिनी लोक
से कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव पॉलिसी कोटी टंका नहीं जानती 100 कोटी रो कवरेज अछि दैट आई हैव फाइल on your lordship's query I saw
आपण तांगड मागतो
आगो उठा रिप्रेजेंटेशन देई दिए
हां रिप्रेजेंटेशन दियंतो
ना देई देले आपण को
नाले आसीबे
हां सुविधा हो ना
ऑफ कोर्स
already Union of India appearance may be noted
हम कॉपी दे दो
कॉपी ना
आई सर्वे
appearance
यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया
हां यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया
आगे
व्हाट इज योर नेम
Karthik Jana along with DSI
okay Karthik Jana along with DSI na DSI along with Karthik Jana कोटा
DSI along
okay DSI along with Karthik Jana appearing for Indian of India किसी काम नहीं
हम देई दउची गोटे आईओसीएल
काई देबे ଆପଣ ଏଇଟା ଏକ୍ସଗ୍ରେସିଆ କଥା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ନା ଏକ୍ସଗ୍ରେସିଆ ତ ଆପଣ ଅଲଗା ଫାଇଲ କରିବେ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ନହେଲେ ଆସିବେ କିଛି କାମ ନାହିଁ କାହିଁ ତାଙ୍କ ଛାଡ ୟୁନିୟନ ଅଫ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ନଟ୍ ଆପିୟର
Petroleum. Party ଅଛି ତ
ପାର୍ଟି
Ministry of Petroleum ଅଛି।
ଏକ୍ସଗ୍ରେସିଆ କରିଛନ୍ତି ନା ପେଟ୍ରୋଲିୟମ ମିନିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ପାର୍ଟି ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ
IOCL କୁ ଦେଲେ ସେ ଦେଇ ଦଉଛି କଫିଟେ
କପି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ବାକି କିଛି କାମ ନାହିଁ ତାଙ୍କର
ଦେଇଦେଲେ ସେ ସାରା ତ ବିଲ୍
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ହଁ ସେମାନେ ଫିଜ୍ ପାଇଁ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ କିନ୍ତୁ that's
I
not
should
proper.
not say like this କିନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ କଫିଟେ ଦେଇ ଦଉଛି that's all lordship enough so that they will get
Do one
advantage
thing, do one
my friend will get
You apply for the compensation amount from the IOCL.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ କରିଦଉଛି apply କରିଦଉଛି
ଆପଣ immediately କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
କରିଦେଇକି ମୁଁ
ନଦେଲେ ରିଟ୍ ଫାଇଲ କରିବେ ସେପାରେଟ ରିଟ୍ ଫାଇଲ କରିବେ ହେଲା
ହଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ଏଇଥିରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ
because that is not ex gratia
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ that is compensation comprehensive police ପରା
Let's say urgent
ମୁଁ
wisdom.
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ
First week of August.
first 10th August
ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଦେଇଦେଇ ଆପଣଙ୍କ କତିକି ଆସିବେ ଆଉ ନ ଦେଇକି ଆଜ୍ଞା
ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଇକି ୱେଟ୍ କରିବେ ମାସେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା, ହଁ।
2 ମାସ ୱେଟ୍ କରିବେ ତାପରେ
ମାସେ ୱେଟ୍ କଲା ବେଳକୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ କତିକି
ମାସେ
ଆସିଯାଇଥିବ
କରନ୍ତିନି ଷ୍ଟେଟ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ମାସେ କରୁନି ସେଣ୍ଟ୍ରାଲ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ମାସରେ କରିବ କଥା ବୁଝୁଛି ନେକ୍ସଟ
34.
34
May I please, Lord, say, Madam, footnote, my lord, neither AD nor unserved notice written back from the OP number 2, my lord. Notice already this would not
what is the case
cancellation of bail, my lord.
cancellation of bail
देखो threaten କରୁଛି ତାଙ୍କୁ ବୋଲି ତାଙ୍କର
issue notice
Notice ଯାଇଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା କିନ୍ତୁ
ଏଡି ବ୍ୟାକ୍ କରି
ଏଡିଟା ଆସିନି
let notice be issued through the local police station no problem
ମତେ ଗୋଟେ ଏକ୍ସଟ୍ରା କପି ଦେଇ ଦିଅ
let an extra copy be served on the consent for the state and which will be served the said copy shall be served to the
IAC
served through IAC who IAC
Balipatna, my lord.
Balipatna the IAC in turn shall serve on the opposite party
Number 2.
Hala? Okay, next.
Okay.
Item number 35.
35
please,
Lord.
They have filed an application for extension of time to complete the investigation, my lord. Your lordship directed by the order dated 28/2/2023 granted 2 months time to complete the investigation, my lord. My lord, where the case is that where an UTP has been amputed his nail by the superintendent of the then superintendent of jail superintendent, my lord. Your lordship, there was an inquiry. Your lordship caused physical appearance of the jail superintendent. Thereafter, your lordship directed that your lordship will see that inquiry report. But on the day they did not produce, and your lordship disposed of the matter, directing that 2 months time is granted to complete the investigation. But thereafter, my lord, after your lordship's order, already 4 months have been elapsed. Now they are coming. Another 4 months time is given to
more application ଟା ଆପଣ ଚିଲଉଛନ୍ତି I have filed the application, my lord, for extension of time to complete the investigation. I have filed the application on 26 August 2026 of this month of June. In this case, the IAC concerned IAC paid 4 months more time to be granted for that to complete the investigation, because some of the present petitioner, he has also sent a letter to the IAC that he is staying at his father is the complainant, he is staying at Bombay. So we have से भी कोन तांकर कोन से अछन बेड रिडन अछन पैरालिसिस हिज बोली हमकु तांकर पुनी 161 स्टेटमेंट रेकॉर्ड करिया पे जो पड़ो हम 4 मास टाइम मागुछु से सेल टेंशन रेकॉर्ड करना आंती आज्ञा 161 नहीं से नहांती ठी से बाहर अछन जेगी दिल्ली थिले आज्ञा टिके रहंतु से दिल्ली रे थिले दिल्ली रे बासी बॉम्बे
Madam, kindly have visualized the situation. When the complainant went to the police station to lodge a FIR, the first and foremost duty of the IO to record the 161. Thereafter, preliminary inquiry, thereafter registration of FIR. And they are now taking a plea that the 161 has not been recorded.
You are for?
I am for the petitioner, my lord.
You are for the petition.
Complainant.
UTP, who is languishing in the jail custody, my lord.
You are. I thought you are for the central government.
No.
Why central government, state government is fighting?
No.
Often you appear for central government, na?
Yes, ma'am.
So anyway,
मते और 2 मास नो टाइम
No, my lord, I have objection. I hardly 1 month. It is
Your objection is overruled.
my lord, kindly have a glance. It is a case of 2021, my lord. My lord, 3 years, my lord. My small grievance is that 3 years ago, master cognizance नहीं परिवेनी. There is a limitation.
आ तमरो जो conduct कहबी तमरो conduct खोलिबी अभी पिटारा. I know your conduct also.
कौन था मुझे सुनियो राजी.
You have very often in the past you have not cooperated the investigation.
No, that is their plea. I was in the custody, my lord. I am in the custody. How I could not cooperate with them? I am in custody, my lord.
See, anyway, I want to grant them time.
4 months.
2 months time is granted for the state to complete the investigation.
Madam, otherwise it will assume as a content of this court. There are 2 occasions.
अरे भैया first करन तू तो ना देखिए.
307 जगह 323 लगे जंती.
हां जहां लगे जंती ट्रायल
UTP आ गया. Nail amputation.
All these things
fracture ହେଇଛି knee.
Go and find in the trial court.
Yes, madam. That
is say in the trial court.
Yes, madam.
Next.
36.
No, order sheet.
अरे कितनी भूल को फिर ट्रैप तुम सुधरेगे नहीं करे कसम खाए क्या नहीं सुधरेंगे ये चलो भूल कर दो
Your lordship, see kindly last order.
37.
Your lordship directed to state to take instruction.
37.
Right.
Yes.
37 there are 2 parts to his prayer.
One is,
to grant arrears of salary and one is for regularization. Arrears of salary have already been granted, that is complied. Regularization, my lord, I'll need some instructions. Daily communication, I haven't got them. My lord, give me 2 weeks time.
Music teacher.
my lord, part-time teacher petition is a part-time music teacher. My petition seek for full-time music teacher as a regular
Music post अछि
Well, after till 1992 music
Asina
teacher,
पड़ेगा नहीं वो
till 1992 music post is there, my lord. Till 92 year 1992, my
So
lord.
you must have retired then.
My lord. Till retirement, my
So what are you after retirement want regulation?
Before
pension
regulation,
purpose.
my for pension purpose.
To take instruction.
And area salary may be given well to
That is already complied with.
Let him take.
No,
Let him take.
I had
no
to check
instruction,
also.
no,
Check also.
no interest has given well to till 2002. Now only 30,000. 199 to 2022, my lord, only 30,000, my lord. They have given on now given well to 2023, my lord. 30,000, man, only.
That is according to his area calculation.
Calculation. What? इतने दिन पर interest देवे नहीं.
Let me take instructions on that. On instructions.
केवल देना थी.
My lord. Petition area salary 26,699 into 9/11/2022. My lord.
1992.
9/11/2022, my lord. 2002, my lord.
Interest there will be huge amount of interest.
Parts the last part that was there was only from 26,699 to 9/11/2002. Say part ta bediyal.
Take instruction on the interest also.
Madam.
Now only petition is very time. Now 80 years of old, my lord. 80 years old, 80 years of old, my lord. Now.
You should get something. Take instruction on the interest payment on the area. And consider the state also to take instruction on the payment of interest of the areas.
Actually, similar situated person, they have get the relief, my lord.
Take
Now-
your wait karo.
My lord.
List the matter on 3rd August. 3rd August.
Oblige, lord.
38.
My lords, I am appearing 38. I am in virtual mode, your lordship. Lordship, item 38, the arguments have already been concluded. And my learned friend appearing for the respondent has already filed its note of submission. Today I am filing. In the course of the day.
My written submission is ready. My colleague is passing it on right now.
Give it.
I am also filing it today, your lordship.
Filing or you'll file?
I'll file today. Today itself I'll file.
Okay. So, I'll send it today without fail.
Lordship.
Otherwise, I'll again adjourn it.
My lords,
No,
they have
well.
taken time. I may give them a last opportunity to file the written submissions. It has been 4 or 5 times now.
No, you're also filing today. I'm filing today.
Day after tomorrow, goli last time my clerk had to call you and then only you gave it. Remember, central government is a big defaulter. in
Yes.
terms of giving this written submission. So I'm fixing it day after tomorrow, okay? Once you give this, that will be closed.
Today I'll file it. Today I'll file it.
File करो तो सेदिन लगेगा खाली हेगला बोले कोई भी
आगे.
Next.
39.
39.
Item 39 on behalf of Advocate Joyant Rath, sir, one passover.
कौन है?
He was here before some time, but he is now in another court. See, he requested for a passover.
Ashikon, the matter has already been laid to rest by the division bench of our court. I'll pass on the order, similar matters.
तो सुला दिया गया, नाउ क्या करें? वो आसन तो दीटा वाला देखे, दीटा वाला.
Item number 41.
41.
My lord, 41, no instruction.
No instruction.
Item number 42.
42.
May I please, boss? This is the case. Now it has been set at rest by the subsequent judgment of the this honorable court confirming the honorable Supreme Court.
This is that block grant teacher.
No, my lord. This is the Gana Shikshak. We have been regularized because we are the ST and SC category candidates. As per a government resolution, we have been regularized. And
What is the problem?
Problem is that regulation was withdrawn because of a subsequent resolution. Initially,
why? What is the reason for it?
What happened? On 4/12/2013, they have taken a decision. Those are the SC and ST and PW category Shikshak. On having that training qualification, they will be regularized as Jilla Parishad teacher, regular primary school teacher, on completion of 6 years of service. But so for the unreserved category candidates, they are to be after 9 years of service. So, pursuant to that government resolution, we have already, and so for the Ganjam district concerned, with the 69 persons, we have got the regulation. We have got the salary, everything in way back in 19/8/2014. That resolution 4/12/2013 was challenged before this, before the tribunal by a group of UR category candidates. And the tribunal didn't consider that. What the tribunal has done, tribunal remitted the matter to the government for reconsideration. Because why they are 9 years and these are the 6 years. This discrimination part government. But government confirm it. Government says, no, we have taken a good decision. That document I have given. Because these are the oppressed section of the people and there is no proper representation of this SC, ST as a teachers. So we have given that benefit. That order was challenged before this honorable court. But ultimately that was withdrawn. So that means the tribunal order was confirmed. But in a meantime, government in suo motu, they have taken a decision, no, for all it will be 9 years. So that means the benefit given to us is directed to be recalled. We have all, by the time we have already given the benefits. So I came for the tribunal. This is a case from tribunal. Tribunal stayed that order. So that we have to get the benefit. But in one hand, though there is a stay order, we are not given the financial benefit, but we are continuing as a regular teacher. In the meantime, my lord, that case is pending from 2016. This is the position. Now, in the meantime, another group of general teacher, UR category Shikshak, they came before this honorable court directly, saying that because Shiksha Sahayaks are regularized after completion of 6 years, we should be given the benefit of equal treatment. That in that Dhananjay's case, the honorable single judge has held, yes, they should also give the equal treatment. But it means on 6 years, all will be regularized. That order come to the division bench. And my lord was a part of that division bench. That order also I have given. They have confirmed that order. The single bench order. It went to Supreme Court. Supreme Court also confirmed that. So now, my lord, the end result is a Gana Shikshak will be regularized on completion of 6 years of service. This is the fact now emerges out. So my responsible submission is, since we have been regularized on completion of 6 years,
before
all these disputes and all these things.
Before that,
yes, by virtue of the government order. And now the court has also said that 6 years after Gana Shikshak will get the benefit. So now this Annexure 4, what the benefit has given to us, that should continue. And this impugn order annexure 7 has to
What is
go
your response?
only this much, man.
What is your response?
There's a rejoinder affidavit that filed. My lords are directed to file a reply to the.
No, you have taken time. There are two occasions. My lord, two occasions
not
for
denying that
this.
fact.
My friend was not there.
So what is the response of the government?
Rejoinder, they have disclosed a lot of facts that
No,
were
not
not
fact,
there.
only judgments.
Just this is a simple issue. Need not go.
Yes.
I mean, need not discuss all these things. Simple issue.
Nothing more to be decided now.
If we have already regularized them on the earlier
Yes,
on the basis of
on the
earlier
earlier part.
notification, give them the financial benefit and let them continue in that fashion.
Yes, that much.
Why should the later development? Why should that affect them?
No, lateral development supports us.
No, why should it affect them? at all?
Yes.
Exactly. They are unaffected by
That
the
is the
later.
aspect that was not clear, for which I have waited.
Later you have 9, then 6. Why should all this?
Again.
You just
Okay,
take a section on
let
that.
me just-
only.
Let me just seek a
All this
clarification.
small issue.
Again,
Very
seek a
small.
clarification. Need to 2 weeks for I'll.
No, that.
Whatever it is, I'll
First,
submit.
my lord,
Finally, we can
proceed.
dispose of it.
First, Mr. Mishra was the land AC, I think. He has taken time. Thereafter 2 weeks. Thereafter, Mr. Panigrahi was there. You are
Not
not there.
denying.
You are today. You are asking for time. Day after tomorrow, somebody else will come. Then I will.
1 week time, doji 1 week time. Land Council the state to take instruction within a week. List the matter on 25th Rasan.
Last.
25th, 28th, 28th. 28th.
20.
Okay, Monday was 28th. Sir, I have
How Monday is the 20th? एक को कर दे. 1 August. You take instruction. This is small issue. This is a very only pointed issue.
My lord.
Nothing. Next.
43.
44, my lord, no instructions, liberty.
No instruction, liberty.
If any cause of action survive, then
No, कर दे. Next.
45.
45.
Item number 45.
The DPS earlier okay. Today no DPS. Next.
Item number 46.
46, my lord. The newly added package, I have filed the cost title in court today. Let notice goes to newly added.
File of the petitioner accepted. Hello. Give a copy to all the parties.
Copy.
And the copies will be served on the parties. Okay. Next.
Okay.
Next the matter on 17th August.
Okay. Interim order to contact.
Interim order.
2 cases.
No, 17th the one interim order shown 3rd, 4th, 8th August. 47.
Okay.
47.
47. Policy. Adjourn to 14th August.
48.
48 non-payment of an insurance amount representation on answer 3 is pending before OP number 1.
Insurance amount.
Yes.
कौन
झीर इन्शुरांस होइतला तापरे मरी गला से टंकाटा से दउना
कहाँ बात है? लोम्बार्ड.
Bajaj Allianz.
Bajaj
Allianz.
Why are you not paying them?
Well, he has not filed any claim before us.
File a claim, mister. You file a claim.
My lord, I'll file a counter, my lord. I've received.
Let him file a claim. I'm disposing it out.
No, my lords, what I am praying, my lords. He is praying for representation disposal by the OP number 1. My lords, I am the OP number 2 and 3. But he is, my lords, trying to revive a dead claim here, my lord. 2010, the daughter died. 2022, he files a representation. Lordships may kindly see. It is hopelessly barred by limitation even under the CP Act, my lords. He is approached the authority concerned, my lords, OP number 1 under section 17. That petition is also misconceived, number 1. And my lord, secondly, my lords, that is hope after 12 years he will approach.
12 years କେମିତି ହେବ? Limitation ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର ଦେବି ନା ଦେବିନି?
ମାନେ
12 year ପରେ approach କଲେ କେମିତି ଦେବେ?
ନା ମଝିରେ ମୁଁ ତ ସବୁଗୁଡାକ ଏଜେଣ୍ଟ ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ ଦିଆ ହେଇଛି ସେ ଏଜେଣ୍ଟ ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ ସବୁ ଯାକ ଦିଆ ହେଇଛି
ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା।
କଣ ମୋ ପାଖରେ ସବୁଗୁଡା ଅରିଜିନାଲ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଦେଇଦେଲି ଆଉ ମୋ ପାଖରେ କଣ ଅଛି ମୁଁ କଣ ଦେବି ମୋ ପାଖରେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କିଛି ନାହିଁ।
ଏଜେଣ୍ଟ ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ ଦେଇଥିଲେ କେବେ?
ଏଜେଣ୍ଟ ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେ ତାଙ୍କ ଯୋଉମାନେ ଥାଆନ୍ତି ପଲିସ କରିଥାନ୍ତି ନର୍ମାଲି ଗାଁ ଲୋକ ତାଙ୍କରି ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ ହିଁ ସେଟଲ କରେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତି। ତେଣୁ ତା ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ ମୁଁ ଦେଇଥିଲି ବିଶ୍ୱାସରେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ମୋ ପାଖରେ କିଛି ନାହିଁ କେବଳ ପଲିସି ନମ୍ବରଟା ଅଛି।
ଦେଖ ଗାଁ ଲୋକ ଗୁଡାକ
ଯେ ଟଙ୍କାଟା ଅଛି ସେ ଟଙ୍କାଟା କଣ ମୁଁ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ ତ ବଢୁଛି ନା।
OP number 1 will consider it. In OP number 1 को से section 17 ने ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି। Section 17 my lords may kindly see. Section 17 of the CPF.
Simply, I am not going to 17, 13, 18. Simply just consider that.
My lords, the representation is before the OP number 1. I am 2 and 3.
OP number 1 की है?
2
ओपन नंबर एडीएम मिलोड आउले आपन तो बैंक ये सॉरी ये कोन इंश्योरेंस कंपनी
ADM कोड दो
से सर सेक्शन 17
for the petitioner to approve the insurance company stating his claim in detail. Allah. And the insurance company shall consider repudiating the claim.
Yes.
केते टका पाइबे?
50,000 इंश्योरेंस हेतला वर्तमान से 50,000 मैच्योरिटी अमाउंट टा एबे जदी इंटरेस्ट किछि देबे तबे नहल नाही
give it the amount
my lord may say my lords will consider the representation my lords your lordship may not observe anything on merits my lords will go through because I don't have any instructions in this matter. We'll consider it my lords.
Consider these people. 50,000 लोग गांव लोगों ने देई छी तक just because of ignorance or something whatever. You should consider. What is the problem?
But my lord may not say my lords anything on merits my lords. But because I'll
merit ना आला पुणे आउथर आसी बेला
आउथर आसी
आला जबरदस्ती दे देले जान जाको दियंतु
जोणे लोक तो
my lord yes to in any case my lord that will be for deficiency of service.
कोन देई दियंतु देखिए डिस्ट्रिक्ट कंज्यूमर फोरम को कार्ड पार्टी के बोली ऑफिसर को
आया सर सेटा कंज्यूमर केस फाइल करिया पूर्व गोटे प्रोविजन अछि ताको अप्रोच कले सी मध्य सर डिस्प्यूट सेटल करबो एज ए मीडिएटर
एठी कोन पाइले
सर सेटा से डिस्प्यूट अर्ली डिस्पोजल हे परलानी
No. Hold on.
For deficiency of service, he has to approach the consumer court.
Sir, ମୁଁ କହୁଛି sir ସେ କରିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ sir ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି ପ୍ରୋଭିଜନ ଯଦି अप्रोच करे सी मध्य सेटल
तापर कंज्यूमर फोटो दिबे ना
सर
रीड को केंदी आसीबे
नहीं से सेटा सेठी पेंडिंग रहला डिस्पोज अप हेलानी
कोडा
एडीएम पाखरे दरखास्तटा पेंडिंग रह जाई छी से किछ करिथिल सर हेतंदा से किछ करले ना
अंडर द कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट सेक्शन 17
sir
petitioner has to first approve the opposite partner one for redressal of grievance according to जदि न कला ताने सेठी फाइल करथांते जदि से अथॉरिटी redressal न कला हम कंज्यूमर फोरम में फाइल करथांते ना एठी पळेले the petitioner to approach the appropriate forum for his relief.
Yes.
सर से कंसीडर करले टिके भलो हैता
रॉन्ग फोरम रे आसी रॉन्ग ऑर्डर मागु छथि आपण सेठी की जीवा कथा सब न हले कोन ला कथा तार आपण डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ सर्विस पे कहउ छथि ना नॉट रीड जुरिस्डिक्शन because you have
नहीं सर वर्तमान प्रॉब्लम होछ कोन गलाड को मोपारा ओरिजिनल कागज पत्र किछ नाही तेनु सेठी से पुनी गोटे
कोन करी मु कोन करि परिबी कहदु मु कागज पत्र खोजी गाणी के देबी
नहीं ए इंश्योरेंस कंपनी सर डायरेक्शन मु अप्रोच करथा न होइतले मु सर
करके आ केंदी करिया
ऑनलाइन
ग्रेट
49
Ma'am, I play my lords. That the petitioner will approach the Hon'Ble court for payment of the term deposit miller. He deposited since from 2003 million for 3-year term deposit and with a reinvestment plan. It was reinvested for time and again. And 2016 from Jaipur it has been invested and it has been transferred to Bhubaneswar miller. Now they have not traced out that. That's why
They say now the entire top, the receipt has not been found trace out. Now the matter has been pending before the apex body, my lord. That's why I approach this board for payment of my term deposit, my lord.
What happened to the representation?
My lord,
You filed a representation.
I have filed representation, but that not attended to. My lord directed the opposite party to take instruction. The my term deposited.
You call representation on the decide kare.
Not decide.
Let them decide within
My lord, let
3
them-
working days.
My lord said, let them pay that money, my lord. My money has been deposited in a bank. She
I
took that.
understand, sir, but you have given a representation. Let
But
the
the representation not been
decide.
attended. That's why I have been
That will,
approached this court.
that will solve the problem.
My lord,
Lord Counsel for the petitioner has given a representation before the branch manager, State Bank of India, Khandagiri branch, BD annexure 2. And this said representation is still pending before the branch manager. Let the representation be disposed of with the reason order at the earliest possible, preferably within a period of 4 weeks. 4 weeks from today.
my lord,
4 weeks from today.
my lord, observe that if you found that I am entitled to receive all the payment.
Sir, sir, देबे
My-
sir, आपने entered देबे, आपने sir जान से देखो.
My lord,
Your
53.
money, they should get it.
Yes,
I
yes,
don't know
yes,
why
but
they are
I'm
just making you round and round.
20 years settled.
Next.
53.
My lord. My lord, it is a bank guarantee matter. My lord, there's a connected matter which is wrongly listed before Justice Biswanath Ratha. If your lordship may. Connected matter. Your lordship said fix this matter today because that matter was posted to 18/7. But that matter has been.
Let it come and take it. Same matter pakana.
Yes, my lord. As item 39.
I'm not on that number there. Number della magari mageda
Okay.
item clearance. Number. Give a cheat.
I'll
कागज लिखी दीजिए.
आगे.
This matter 22nd August.
Interim order may continue.
Along with that.
आगे. Interim order.
Interim order to continue.
Highly.
Next.
54.
54. Next. अब डकियो नहीं.
Launch
डकियो नहीं.
Purna case.
54.
Item 54.
आगे को करना नहीं.
No, it's a नहीं.
ये बहुत पुराना है 2009.
2009 बड़ी मेट्रो.
Second August. 2nd August. So 2nd August. Doctor 55.
55.
See, Sam, 2nd August. Non-APS. 56.
56 टा adjourn है.
56 टा adjourn है जी. 9 August.
57.
And your lordship. Post for the Anganwadi worker in respect of Bandhagadia Anganwadi Center, your lordship.
बंध गड़िया एरे कम
बंध-
আছে 2010 ର.
Your lordship.
ଏଥିରେ କଣ ଥିବ? ଏଥିରେ କଣ ଥିବ?
Lordship.
ସବୁ ସରି ଯାଇଥିବ ତାର.
Lordship, kindly see the advertisement. Sir, ଥିବ ସିଏ already ଚାକିରିରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି opposite party number 6. କମଳାକାନ୍ତ ମଲ୍ଲିକ. I am for the petition.
କଣ what is the
The appeal rejected on the ground that I am not belong to the Anganwadi service center area. Your lordship, kindly see the
belong
resident
to?
certificate issued by the competent authority under Annexure 6 series page 26.
କୋଉ ଗାଁ?
Bandhagadi. I am belongs to the
Bandha
Bandhagadi.
Gadiya. ଆଉ ସିଏ post କୋଉ ପାଇଁ ବାହାରିଥିଲା?
Anganwadi worker Bandhagadia Center, Annexure 3, your lordship. Page 22. The advertisement. Your lordship.
ତ ଆପଣ କଣ ପାଇଁ ରିଜେକ୍ଟ କଲେ ତାହେଲେ?
Lordship, I have, your lordship kindly see my merit list annexure 5. ଏଥିରେ ସେମାନେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଫର୍ମ ସହ ଦେଇଥିବା ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ମେଳ ଖାଉନଥିବାରୁ କମିଟି ଫର୍ମଟିକୁ ନାକଚ କଲେ।
ମେଳ ଖାଉନଥିବା ହେଲେ ମୁଁ ମେଳ କରିବି?
ନାଇଁ, your lordship,
କଣ ମେଳ ପାଇଁ ମେଳ
was the
ଖାଇଲା?
initial finding of the selection committee.
Ah.
Thereafter, I approached this honorable court. This honorable court directed me to approach in appeal. I preferred appeal. Appeal, the appellate authority come to a finding that I am not belongs to that area. Whereas your lordship kindly see my residence certificate,
That I've
which
seen.
is still
That
in
I've-
existence. It has not been cancelled by the appropriate authority. It has to be set aside by the.
That I've seen. But if he belongs to that area, then why?
The certificate has
already been cancelled.
No, your lordship. No, your lordship.
I'm
Kindly-
counter ଦେଇଛୁ ସେଇଟା।
Yes,
ସେ
your
launch
lordship.
ପରେ ଆସୁ ଫାଇଲ ଟିକେ ରହିଯାଇଛି।
No, your lordship. ମୁଁ
Launch
ଦେଖି-
ପରେ ଆସୁ।
ମୋ ପାଖରେ କାଗଜ ଅଛି, ମୁଁ ଦେବି ଆଜ୍ଞା।
Sir,
That is in respect of the.
launch ପରେ ଆସୁ।
I'm sorry, your lordship. I'm sorry.
Item 39 that has already been decided in the process of the writ appeal. That
Yes,
order.
this is-
Yes,
Thirty, third August go, see, second August go. There is another matter.
କୋଉଟା?
Item 30. It is
Third
fixed
August
to
କଣ?
3rd August. Another matter is there, fixed to 2nd August.
କାଇଁ ଥାର୍ଡ ରେ ଆସିଲା?
Another
holiday
matter,
ନୁହେଁ?
another matter is there. ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ matter ଅଛି ସେଦିନ ଆଜ୍ଞା। Sir, ସେଟା second August.
My lord, pardon to mention, my lord. Item one to be mentioned matter. We have already filed the written note, but number has been wrongly mentioned.
My lord, item 67, counter door file not copy served. Let it become 2 weeks after, which is agenda.
Release the matter on 25th. 25th August.
59 also no counter has been filed.
25th August.
59.
25th August. Counter to be filed by the state positively.
Pardon to make a mention for my lord, item 62. You have sought for instruction, my lord. Kindly grant some time to get up to the instruction.
62.
My lord.
Anganwadi.
Anganwadi.
Okay. Counter to the state. 1 week time to take instruction.
Item 60, my lord, infructuous.
60 infructuous.
Item 73, no counter has, item 73, counter has not been filed.
73 counter has not been filed.
Anganwadi helper matter.
Counter फंटर कौन है आर्ग्यू कर दे सरदवा कौन
Along with
ये काउंटर कितने पुराने कोड कौन खोजियो
private opposite party.
argue the matter finish let's finish it
Private opposite party also file another writ petition.
लेके था सुन दवा ଆଉ ଏ କାଇଁ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଫଣ୍ଟର କରୁଛନ୍ତି କାଉଣ୍ଟର କରିବେ ଆଉ
এটা along with ଆସିବ
ଆଉ 10 ବର୍ଷ ଲାଗିବ
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରାଇଭେଟ ଅପୋଜିଟ ପାର୍ଟି ମୋର ଯେ ପ୍ରାଇଭେଟ ଅପୋଜିଟ ପାର୍ଟି ଅଛନ୍ତି ସେ ଗୋଟେ ରିଡ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି ସେଟା along with ଆସିଲେ ଏକା ବେଳେ
ନମ୍ବର ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
23754
ଲେଖିକି ଦେଇ ଦେ ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
କାର୍ଡ ଲେଖି ଦେ ହେଲା ଓକେ ଲେଟ୍ ଇଟ୍ କମ୍ ଅନ୍ ଅଦର ଡେ 17 18 କେ ଗୋଟେ ଦେଇ ଦିଅ ହେଲା ଲେଟ୍ ଇଟ୍ କମ୍ ଅନ୍ ସମ୍ ଅଦର ଡେ ଆପଣ ବି ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ନେଇ ଦିବେ ଇନ୍ ଦି ମିନିଂ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ଦେଇ କଣ ସବୁ ପୁରୁଣା ଜିନିଷ ଛାଡି ଦବା ସବୁ ପୁରୁଣା ଲୋକ ଛାଡି ଦବା ଫଟାଫଟ
In this case, last time also directed,
Secretary peer to a peer.
Yes, 26.
The transfer of.
is present.
Yes, Mr. Lohani, just I have called you for some purpose.
Yes, sir.
Because a lot of cases, what in case of this Gram Rojgar,
Gram Rojgar
Sevak.
Yeah.
Many cases, actually, many people are just thrown out of job
Sir.
without conducting any inquiry about whatever allegation comes. So
Sir.
let's have a protocol for when before you throw them out.
Sir.
You should have a protocol, because most of the time the sarpanch, they are, you know what kind of people they are.
Sir.
So they're elected representative. They, I mean, somebody. I mean, there are a lot of things you know very better.
Yes, sir, yes.
So have a protocol before you throw them out. You just have a inquiry, and inquiry should be conducted by not less than a person of a BDO level.
Sure,
Or
sir.
if
Sure.
you have Tahsildar or BDO kind of person, he should go into, because BDO, I think there will be Panchayati Raj, so that will be BDO, I think.
Sure.
So actually, you have a just frame a guideline whenever such kind of things happen, because many occasions I have seen, just they are thrown out just because the sarpanch gives a complaint against the person, that person goes.
Sir.
So if a officer, any state officer will conduct the inquiry, and on the basis of that inquiry, if it is thrown, then it will be, there will be less litigation.
Yes, sir.
There will be less burden with litigation.
We'll review the existing guidelines, sir, and we will incorporate.
Yeah, so some guidelines need to be framed on this issue.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
That's why I wanted to meet you.
Sure.
So otherwise, and in this case, what is this?
Lord,
Last
here,
one.
Lord,
And second issue, sir. Second issue is the transfer issue. Very often you say these people are getting very scanty salary, very small amount of salary, maybe 8,000 or 9,000.
9,200.
If they are transferred to distance place, so if a person now goes to 70 kilometers, 60 kilometers, 100, so they're actually the conveyance charges will be more than what they're getting.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So that will again have a hardship on them.
Sir.
So there'll be less motivation to work.
Sir.
So if that is also another thing, the transfer policy should also be framed by the department.
Sir, I'll just submit something, sir.
Yes, please.
In fact, sir, in 2018, we have issued a guideline how and under what circumstances the GRS should be transferred. And there are three grounds. One is in exigency of public service. Another one was on his own request. And the third one was when there's a vacancy, or say there's some administrative ground, or there's some complaints, etc. So on these three grounds we transfer.
Yeah, I'll start from second. I'll start
Yes.
from second. Second is you are saying that his own request. That no issue.
Yes, sir.
If there is a desire by a particular person to go to a
Yes.
particular place, if the vacancy is available, you can transfer. That is not an issue.
Yes, sir.
But so far as the other issues are administrative exigency and blah blah blah.
Yes, sir.
Confine the administrative exigency to the same block itself without going to the distance place, because see the condition of their plight, because they are getting less salary, they have to maintain the family with that such amount, and if they start spending money on traveling and all that, so they will be left with zero.
Sir.
At least that thing should be taken into account.
Generally, we do not transfer unless there is some complaint.
No, there are many cases. Today I have, in fact, in 2 cases, I have issued notice. 120 kilometer person will be transferred. So is it not possible to transfer the person nearby area? Maybe some in the same block. Yeah, so that time. So you make a policy that transfer can be within 30 to 40 years, maximum 50 kilometer.
Yes.
So that slightly lesser hardship.
Sure, sir. Sure.
And as far as possible, unless there is some complaint or something, don't transfer.
Sure.
Person, maybe if you transfer, no problem, but within is Gram Panchayat one person is there?
Yes. One person, only one GR.
One person. So that can be nearby Gram Panchayat here and there, you can change them, not a problem. Or maybe to it slightly 15-20 kilometers away, that it can be done, not a problem. So just you frame a clearer policy with respect to
We'll do that, sir. We'll do that.
So that will be, I would think that will create less litigation. Otherwise, for everything, everybody is coming to court. For a small transfer, people are coming to court. I feel actually sometimes pity for them, because if a small person, if he is transferred to 80 kilometer, 120 kilometer, 100 kilometer, it is very difficult for him to manage that. So that's why
Sure,
my
sir, we'll give
request
you
is
our
to
guideline.
the state government should frame a guideline on this.
Sure, sir, sure.
The transfer and of course the termination.
Sir.
These two are very contentious issue. Every day there is a lot of litigation on this issue. So therefore, you just frame a guideline on both the issue.
Sure, sir.
Considering the plight on the, especially in the issue of transfer.
Sure, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yes, what is your case about?
My lord, here I have been transferred. Initially, your lordship may kindly turn to.
Transferred to which place?
Yes, I joined.
Sometimes what happens, actually, there are some officers at the ground level, they transfer just like mindlessly they transfer them. That's not good.
Sir, this is specific case, sir, I was.
Mindlessly transfer some, again, another, there are some sarpanch, chugalkhor kind of sarpanch. They might be putting something in the air and the person will transfer. So these things are all to be, and you have to sensitize the officers also on this issue.
Yes, we'll put sufficient safeguards, sir, and whatever you have suggested.
Yeah, so that at least unnecessarily they should not be subjected to harassment on
Sure,
this.
sure.
Yes, so you have been transferred twice.
Twice in 1 year, within 2 months.
Your conduct must be
No,
bad.
no, my lord, they say it is just exigency.
Exigency.
Yes.
We have already filed counter.
Many a time they don't write also because that will mar your.
But that they have not specified in the counter.
Very often they don't write that.
And in the
Exigency,
counter
write
they
exigency
say-
to safeguard your
Yes, but in
future.
the counter say that it is for 5 years. If I'm in one place, then I should be transferred. I have been transferred within 2 years.
That's why
2 months from
that's
my
why I have called the secretary
first
just to
transfer.
streamline the thing.
Yes.
And he is
Yes,
looking
yes.
after
Well,
that. He will come
obviously
out with a
government has some-
come
has-
out with a policy.
Yes,
so that
madam.
this kind of
Yes.
problem will not
Yes.
arise in future. That's why I'm calling.
So let them have that policy. In the meantime, your lordship has
Madam,
granted me interim order, but they are not
No, no.
allowing me to join, continue.
No, my lord. This case is something different. Here I am placing, I have filed my counter.
Yes, let me place
Let
my
him
case.
file his counter.
Yes,
I
filed.
already filed my counter.
Yesterday, today only I have subbed
You
the
filed
got
your
a copy.
case.
Lord, if this case-
What is the reason for transfer?
Yes. your-
Yes. Your
Counter
lordship.
filed by
See,
Opinor 2, 3
generally, court does not interfere in transfer.
Yes,
matters.
yes.
This is this consistent policy we
Yes.
have. Consistently, we actually restrain ourselves in interfering.
Again.
But since these are poor people, small employees, so that's why I'm interested.
We have
Otherwise-
justified in our counter
that's
affidavit.
right.
My lord, may kindly turn to annexure 3 at page 10 for a moment.
Page 10.
10.
From this,
No, my lord, from my writ petition.
you read now.
Yes. This order was passed on 23/5/2023, wherein I was in Kolasondapur. I have been transferred to Ghagnu Gram Panchayat.
Kalsandapur Baska. Where?
That is in the same block. There is no dispute on that.
Aska block.
Aska block. I don't dispute, my lord. This I accepted. This was done on 23/5/2023, and annexure 1, I have been transferred on 28/6/2023, within just not even 30 days.
There must be some complaint, sir.
My lord, there is no complaint in view of
No, they don't-
administrative
I have told
convenience.
now, very often they don't write
Yes,
to protect your
administrative
image.
convenience and
If
smooth.
they
implement-
write something that might
No, they what?
affect your career,
Yes,
that's why they do.
they write administrative convenience and smooth implementation of Manrega
They
work.
write often, very.
And I have been given.
If there is a smaller complaint, not very, they think that things are not going on well, they
Yes.
sometimes like.
I have been
write
thrown out from that block within 28 days.
Yes.
My lord, that is under challenge. If they would have written me, I came in month of May. I have been transferred in month of June.
No, transfer should be there because if you just allow a person to be there for a long time, there are other things will.
28 days.
Transfer
I have
will be
been
there.
transferred within 28
There is
days.
something there. I don't know the
28
reason. na.
days.
I can't comment on that unless
And-
I know the reason. Why? What is the
Yes,
reason?
yes, yours have a glance, my counter affidavit. Annexure.
And yet they have served the counter today itself, my lord.
Anyway, that's this
Yes,
is not a small matter. What is the rocket science in it?
Yes.
You can read it here and just we can decide.
I rely upon the counter filed by OP number 1, your lordship may
No, no.
see page.
Just
No, no, no.
let him answer.
Yes, annexure, Opinor 2, 3 and 4, they have filed counter, let's have a glance.
You read what is the reason for
My lord, here first number of so called notice was issued to her due to poor performance and all these errors committed by her.
disobedience, all these things. She never turned.
So they on
Thereafter-
inefficiency ground, so definitely they will do
Yes.
something. That we can't-
Inefficiency ground
the
also
court
there.
should not interfere in all
Yes.
things. Code has also limitation.
Absolutely.
When
My lord,
you are
when
not
they filed
performing
the
well, not
counter today,
performing well,
my
if
lord,
you are not, your performance is
my
not
lord,
good.
once they filed a counter today, am I not supposed to take
No,
instruction?
no,
on it?
this is, nobody is stopping that, just because I am just discussing.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, discussing in front of the.
Only one page I am placing, your see page 47 of my counter, annexed to H/4. That's the inquiry report of the video.
47.
Yes.
So now you have been transferred to a far off place.
Far off place.
How?
Only 25 kilometers. No, 25 kilometers.
It is
25
65
kilometers.
25.
65 kilometers.
5 kilometers is not a.
My lord, 65 kilometers.
From where to where? Tell me.
My lord, from Dufro, Aska block to another block.
Tell me what is the
Yes.
distance. I will tell you the
Nah,
distance. I
yes,
have
yes,
everything in my computer.
My lord,
I'll find
it is from.
Hmm.
Yeah, I'm saying.
From which place to
Yes,
place?
yes,
Tell me.
my lord.
I'll find out the distance.
From
from here.
Askla block to Kukudakhandi.
Aska and
village.
Kukudakhandi is very nearby. Don't say all these things.
Na, ye jibar rasta nahi, I have to turn and go.
The distance koi duchi. Aska and Kukudakhandi. Kukudakhandi is nearby Barampur. Aska is
Paragraph
slightly
16 we have stated.
around 35 or 30 kilometers.
28 kilometers.
Huh? 28 kilometers.
25 kilometers, say the rest.
Yes, yes.
But within 28 days. That is my one of my.
You have good communication. There is no problem.
Yes.
There is
Now
only
nearer to
28.9 kilometer, 40-minute distance. I mean, time will take, and a lot of buses fly on that road.
Adjoining to Barampur municipal.
I know that.
Yes.
Kukudakhandi, I know that.
Yeah.
What is the problem? Askar Gura, 28.9 kilometer. And you were saying.
Well,
65.
let me go through.
Okay,
the
no,
count.
no. You transfer, I'll not go to interfere. Sorry. Now,
But I have just got the counter today itself.
you file it counter, but I'm not going to interfere. You may file it counter.
No, counter
It's
they
not
have
very-
filed. I've just now got it. They've just
Now
now
you
served
file
me
your
copy.
counter, but I will not interfere, let me tell you.
That is lordship, that
You
is
file
your
your
lordship's
counter.
discretion.
File your counter.
No, I have to file a rejoinder because they have
Okay,
stated.
sorry, rejoinder.
Yes.
Not counter. File a rejoinder. I'm giving you 1 week time, but the result will be the same.
As your lordship, please.
I've
That is up to your lordship.
Because 25, 25, 28 kilometers, not very.
My lord, that is your
Had
lordship's
it been 100
decision.
kilometers, 200 kilometers, then okay.
My lord, I am to place my case. Decision is your lordship's mercy.
Okay.
I cannot question that.
Okay, fine. You file a reply.
9th your lordship may call because 2 other matters you have posted to 9th so that all
Okay, let it come on 9th. No.
First of August.
9th is posted. The
No, other 5
15
days
and 16. 15 and 16 your lordship has posted to 9th.
Let it come on for 9th, not a problem.
First case.
Oh, so
Same
line.
Again.
I'll not interfere generally.
Yes.
When there is distance is very far, I will interfere. Otherwise, I don't interfere.
Yes.
That's why the secretary has stated that he would try to formulate some guideline so that this long distance transfer can be avoided.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
But
Fact
this
remains,
50 kilometers, these are.
Fact remains.
15
Fact remains.
not a matter. I also
Remains
said.
out of record. I'm saying instead of disengaging, they are transferring. To these
I know
people,
that.
because they're out of control.
Very often,
Yes.
they don't write why they are transferring. They say administrative exigency, but otherwise something else is there.
Yeah.
They are protecting you, in fact. So you should be thankful to them.
No.
Sometimes.
My lord, once they have raised certain points against me, I will just go through and ask.
Fine.
it.
Just I am also saying stating the reality.
Yes, ma'am.
The reality is that actually. Very often they don't write many things.
Yes.
Okay. So okay, you file your reply.
9th, your lord.
Okay.
Interim order to continue.
Interim order to continue, but the same thing will happen. I will not cancel the transfer order.
My lord, I am to discharge my duty. Your
Okay,
lordship
you
is
discharge.
to decide.
Okay. Next item.
Well, the secretary has
57.
The secretary has also filed an affidavit, my lord.
Yes, I have received it
Enclosing
yesterday
the
only.
copy of the guidelines as well as the executive.
No,
instructions.
just I have requested him to just slightly tweak the guidelines.
Yes, ma'am.
Whatever is there.
I'll ensure, my lord.
So that this kind of inconvenience
Yes.
may not surface again.
Lord,
I have
I just
received
want to-
yesterday the filed by OP number 1. Today I have received their counter filed today.
OP number
So
one
I
is
was saying that.
only about the policy decision. Otherwise, my lord, we have not stated anything
That's
about
that's
present
the only
conditions.
reason. That's the only
Yes.
reason I have called him. Nothing else.
Ma'am.
Because just a slight tweaking is necessary
Yes.
because of this kind of long. And secondly, There are some officers, they don't realize the sensitivity of the issue. Very
Also
often
right.
their condition should also.
So far,
At the same time, many badmas are also there. That you can't
My lord, there is defect on both the sides, not that only one side.
এই সাইড রে বেশি
এই side রে
আপনার সাইড
বেশি।
রে বেশি সরকার সাইড রে কম আপনার সাইড রে বেশি
নিশ্চয় নহলে
যোগান
আজ্ঞା
সহায়ক রোজগার যোগান সহায়ক রোজগার কোন এটা
গ্রাম রোজগার
গ্রাম রোজগার সহায়ক এই দুইটা পুরা এভরিওয়্যার দে আর মিন্টিং মানি ডিফরেন্ট ওয়ে সো গভর্নমেন্ট কেতে টলারেট করিব
না না
পনিশমেন্ট দেବାକୁ পড়িବ না ওকে নেক্সট আইটেম
Item 57.
Personal
Personal appearance
item
to lord.
57.
Thank you sir, thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Item 57, first of all, I beg apology, your lordship. 57, I beg apology, what a wrong submission कर देची.
ଜାଣିଥିଲେ ଆପଣ କଲା
I'm
ନାହିଁ
sorry.
ରક્ષଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି
I
I
beg
did that.
apology for that.
ତ ରାଇଟ୍ ସବମିଶନ ଟା କରନ୍ତୁ
Right submission, they have cancelled my caste certificate,
ହଁ
but your lordship kindly see the guideline for a moment. ସେଥିରେ ସେମାନେ କହିଲେ
ଆପଣ କାଷ୍ଟ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ କ୍ୟାନ୍ସେଲ ହେଇଯାଇଛି
cancel ହେଇଛି, cancel ହେଇଛି.
କାଷ୍ଟ ନାହିଁ ରେସିଡେନ୍ସିଆଲ
Yes, I am sorry, your lordship, residence
Residential.
certificate. But there is a guideline, ସେଥିରେ କହିଲା the Anganwadi center from women residing in the said village. There is a finding of the CDPO that I am residing there, your lordship.
ତା ରିଜାର୍ଡିଂ ରେ ହୁଏନି ରିଜାର୍ଡିଂ ରେ ପ୍ରୁଫ କଣ ଆଇଦର ଆପଣ ଆଧାର କାର୍ଡ ଥିବ ଆଧାର କାର୍ଡ ତ ନୁହେଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଭୋଟର କାର୍ଡ ନଟ୍ ଆଧାର କାର୍ଡ ଆଧାର କାର୍ଡ ତ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଇପାରିବ ଏବେ ଆପଣ ଏବେ ବମ୍ବେ ଗଲେ ବମ୍ବେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ବମ୍ବେରେ
There is a inquiry,
ଆଜିକାଲି ଆଧାର କାର୍ଡ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଇଯାଏ ଆଡ୍ରେସ କିଛି
there is
ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ
a
ନାହିଁ
inquiry made by the Tahsildar.
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ either you have to have a residential certificate or a voter ID card. These two things are taken into account. So residential certificate is more accurate. Okay. So what is the finding of the Tahsildar?
Finding, your lordship, 8/4/2010, annexure 11.
Annex 11.
11, the inquiry made by Tahsildar
Read it. No?
with reference to the subject cited above regarding the residence certificate verification. With the reference to the subject cited above, I conducted a field inquiry in dated 5/4/2010 of village Bandharagodia, PS Bond, in the presence of villagers, ward member and applicant regarding the residential certificate of Anusuya Lenka, the present petitioner, your lordship. Wife of Sudam Charan Lenka, daughter of Ashok Kumar Lenka. It is inquired that Srimati Anusuya Lenka married to Sudam Charan Sahu of Podapatana in the year 2006 as a love marriage in the temple. After her marriage, she has spent some days at in-laws house. Due to the family disturbances, she has been residing at her parents' house, which is Bhandari Gadia, since last 2 years. She has a 2 years of old daughter.
Her parents' house is somewhere else.
Parents' house is Bandharagodia. Where is the present Anganwadi center? False, your lordship.
And ତାର ଶାଶୁଘର ଅଲଗା ଆଡେ
Podapatana. And at the time of cancelling my caste certificate, which was issued in the year of 2009,
Don't say caste, it's a residence.
I am sorry, your lord, residence certificate, they have not followed any principles of natural justice. After 1 year, they have cancelled the residence certificate without issuing any notice, no opportunity of hearing was.
If they are agreed with that order, they should challenge that order in
That order,
other forum.
Have you challenged that order?
Yes.
your
That's
lordship,
again separate issue.
by that period, the matter is already pending before this honorable court. I am
That's
challenging
why
the
I'm doing
appeal.
one thing, I'm dismissing it. Let the person continue. What to do? I can't-
ରହୁଛି continue କରୁଛି କିନ୍ତୁ ଏଥିରେ finding ଟା ଅଛି
ଆଚ୍ଛା,
ମୁଁ
ଆପଣ
residing
continue
କରୁଛି
କରୁଛନ୍ତି?
ନା ନା ସେମାନେ କରୁଛନ୍ତି
ସେମାନେ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ନା let her continue. Why are you disturbing? କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ହେଲା?
12 years 13 ବର୍ଷ ହେଇଗଲା
12, 13 year କଲେନି କାହିଁକି ଡିଷ୍ଟର୍ବ କରିବ ଡିଷ୍ଟର୍ବ କରିବା ନାହିଁ
ତ ଲର୍ଡସିପ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ
ସେମିତି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ତ ଇଏ ହେଇଯାଇଛି
ଅପିଲ ରେ
cancel ହେଇଯାଇଛି
ଏ ଲର୍ଡସିପ ଅପିଲ ରେ ସେମାନେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ମୁଁ ରିଜାଇଡିଂ କରୁଛି but still they are
No,
They are not residing, sir.
resign temporarily.
residing for since 2 years. They are admitting that I am residing
By
since 2 years.
suppressing and misleading, she got the certificate, saying I am the daughter of so and so. She has not disclosed her husband's name. And there are two child who, what is saying that there are two child. In
Now
Anganwadi also.
we have 2 residential certificates.
No,
Yes,
no, lordship.
from there.
ମୁଁ ସେଠୁ ଛାଡି ଆସିଲି କାରଣ I am out of love affection.
All this law of affairs କହନ୍ତୁ କି ଆମ
That is a finding, your
personal
lordship.
affairs. Now I'm not I'm just dismissing it.
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଦିନକୁ ଆସୁ
ଆଉ କଣ ଦିନରେ କିଛି ନାହିଁ
ମୁଁ ଟିକେ ଖାଲି instruction ନେଇଯାଇଥାନ୍ତି।
ମଲା ଘୋଡା ପଛରେ କାଇଁ ଦୌଡୁଛନ୍ତି
instruction
ଆଉ
ନେଇକି
କିଛି ହବନି।
Lordship,
କିଛି
ଗୋଟେ
ପାଇବନି।
ଡେଟ୍ ଥାଉ
ଆଉ କିଛି ଦବନି।
ସେ 12-13 ବର୍ଷ କଲାଣି ତ କାଇଁ ଡିସକ୍ଲୋଜ କରିବେ
ମୁଁ ଖାଲି କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ କୁ ସେଟା ଜଣେଇଦେବି
କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ ଜଣେଇଦେବେ କୋର୍ଟ ଶୁଣିଲେନି ବୋଲି
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ କହିବି ଏଇଆ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ମେରିଟ ଅଛି କେସ ରେ ଡିସମିସ ହଉଛି କେସ ମୁଁ କହିଦେବି ମେରିଟ ଟା ଏଇଆ
ତାପରେ ଡିସମିସ କରିବେ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ କହିକିରି
ଖରାପ it will be injustice in my
I am taking your prestige into consideration. I'm putting it. Okay, let's
again I apologize, your
Second,
Lordship.
second.
Again I
Not a problem.
Material instruction is.
You admit it is important. If people don't admit, that's the problem.
I wrongly ମୁଁ ଟିକେ ତରତର
Not a problem.
again I apologize, your Lordship.
Okay. Next,
58.
58.
She got the appointment. I think this is infructuous. I got in my counter period assisted filed the document.
Okay, so I'll consider the state, submit that.
Counter period page note
Petition
6.
challenges the order dated 5/10/2010 of ADM Appellate Authority Nuapada, passed in appeal case number 66 of 2010 on the ground that while directing to issue fresh notification for Hon'Ble worker, but did not stipulate to give engagement to the SC/ST candidate as the country has under MADA area, MADA area, MADA. The present application challenges on the ground that the appeal number case number 37 of 2010 filed by the petitioner, though not heard, plugging with the letter case, but they transfer the state, not a case for the petitioner, not transfer the state submitted. This the matter is of 2010 and it has, the appointment has already been made.
Yes, I have filed order number 1119 dated
Bid order number
1119
1119.
dated 21st December 2010.
21st December 2010. And
After filing of this petition.
after filing of the petition is in fructus, secondly dispute. Next,
Item number 61.
61. 61. 61.
I am the respondent 7.
कौन अच्छी स्थिति है वे ଆପଣ कंटिन्यू କରୁଛନ୍ତି
I am working.
You are continuing?
Yes. By the status of this court.
Huh?
By the status of this court, I am continuing since 12 years.
Who is for the petitioner? Status quo is under the next page. What is it? Now, I would have the chance. List the matter on 2nd August. Non-appeals for the petition. Next.
Item number 63.
53. 63.
I am applying for the opposite part or 5.
कौन status को तो कौन है?
Order
कौन continue କରୁଛନ୍ତି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ continue କରୁଛି. Already appeal ରେ ସେମାନେ କହିଛନ୍ତି ଯେ counter has been filed, but they said the petitioner doesn't belong to center area.
Petitioner
doesn't belong to center area. That is the finding of the appellate authority.
One chance be given. Let one chance be given. This non-appeal petition. Let one chance be given to the petitioner to be present before this court. List matter on 2nd. Say 2nd is next.
64.
64.
A rejoinder is to be filed sometime maybe now.
ଆଉ ରିଜେଣ୍ଡର କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ନେବେ ସାର୍ 2012 ମାତ୍ର ରିଜେଣ୍ଡର କଣ ଅପିଲ କରୁଛନ୍ତି
2012 ମସିହା ସେମାନେ 2019 ରେ ଦେଲେ କାଉଣ୍ଟର
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ରିଜେଣ୍ଡର ଆପଣ ତାର 2023 ରେ ଦେବେ ରିଜେଣ୍ଡର
ମୋତେ ଆଉ
ମାନେ ଆହୁରି
ଗୋଟେ week
ସେମାନେ ଆଉ
ଗୋଟେ
7 ବର୍ଷ ଉପରେ ଦେବେ
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ ମୁଁ କହିନଥାନ୍ତି ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ନଟ୍ ରେଡି
1 week ପରେ ରିଜେଣ୍ଡର ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତୁ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଲଗାଉଛି ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଲଗାଇ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଅଗଷ୍ଟ ଫାଇଲ ରିଜେଣ୍ଡର whatever you want to file final hearing 2nd August. Next.
In item
65.
number 63, may I pray your lordship, item number 63. 63, your lordship has adjourned it to 2nd of August. But my brief condition is like this. Can I take a brief of your lordship?
Copy of the counter be served.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୋ 63 brief condition
ହଉ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ କପି ନେଇକି ଫଟୋ କପି କରି ଦେଇଦେବେ ହେଲା don't forget return file. Okay, next.
Item number 65.
Notice not sufficient on OP4 my lord.
ଏବେ now
OP4 is the contesting part.
though the land council for the non appear for the petitioner, it is seen from the key report.
Yes, sir.
SR report. Report that the office report that the service is not complete and no fresh steps has been taken to either out a chance data.
Take fresh notice.
Petitioner take fresh notice. This is the second.
Okay.
Next.
66.
56.
Opposite party number 7. Last order lordship 8/4/2021. They have not served in writ petition copy. The matter was earlier dismissed. Thereafter it is restored lordship.
Today, therefore.
Petitioner lordship.
Disputes ଖାଇବ
There is
restore ହେଲା ପୁଣି ଆଉଥରେ ଖାଇବା ପାଇଁ ଯାଉଥିଲ
no lordship, there is some merit lordship, there is really there is merit lordship.
merit ରେ argue କର
So kindly pass over lordship.
ଆଉ pass over होइନି
Mr. Lenka will have
second half ରେ pass over କରେਗਾ
tomorrow lordship, kindly last chance.
second second. Okay, next.
Obliged.
Item number 68.
68. Here କଣ situation? None appears. List on second. Next.
69.
May I please your lordship, my lord. This is the case of selection of.
You are for petitioner.
I am for the petitioner. This is the case of selection of the Hon'Ble. My lord, that earlier, my lord, the petitioner has filed this case and this honorable court directed to set aside the selection process and remanded back to the authority to reconsider. My lord.
After what happened after that?
My lord.
After that, what happened?
Till date, they are not comply that order and they are filed the counter saying that, my lord, my lordship has gone to page 2 of the counter. The compliance of the but contrary to this, for compliance of the part of the order, no relevant record relating to the selection and engagement of the Hon'Ble worker is available in Marseille ICDS project office.
Okay, then let me pass the final order.
So for this, my lord,
this court BD order dated 2/2009 passed in writ petition civil number 12484 of 2008 has been.
My lord, page 5 of my writ petition.
The opposite parties have not disengaged, have still continuing. Who is continuing? Apna?
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ କରିନି ମୁଁ
opposite party.
ମୁଁ ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ପ୍ରୋସେସ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କରୁଛି
Selection କଣ ground କଣ?
ମାନେ ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ପ୍ରୋସେସ ଟା କୋର୍ଟ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟେଡ ଟୁ ରିସିଲେକ୍ଟେଡ ରିମାଣ୍ଡେଡ ବ୍ୟାକ୍ ଟୁ ସିଲେକ୍ସନ
order କାଇଁ?
ମାନେ the page 5 I also
page ଲଗେଇ ନାହାନ୍ତି?
I have given that order.
ଲଗେଇବେ ନା
I'm putting that order in my writ petition and this is the respective.
Though this court had passed an order to the appellate authority,
My lord,
appellate authority. Kiye chhada?
no, selection committee, sir.
Selection committee.
Selection committee kota, ko jaga?
My lord, that is the Marshaghai ICDS project.
Selection committee, who is the selection?
Child development
District level
project of
ba na?
Marshaghai.
District collector.
No.
Selection committee for fresh, for revisiting the case of the present petitioner afresh, and the and the petitioner was directed to be to be allowed to participate in the selection process.
My lord.
এটা তো এটা কোন লেখায় যে আমরা কোথায় কোন remitted back to the authority to fresh okay it was remitted back to the authority for fresh selection after constituting a selection committee and directed accordingly. The committee was the committee would should be remitted back to the authority for fresh selection. However,
Fresh selection by considering those candidates who was applied, my lord.
considering those candidates who had applied for this said post. However, the committee has not yet selected.
Not been constituted and not
Been constituted, nor select, neither constituted nor selected any candidate. The order dated date 2/2009 seems to have not been complied by the authority. In such view, the matter, let the authority comply with the order 2/2009 within a period of 3 months from today and take.
Hello, we have filed our counter stating that those original selection
ଆଜ୍ଞା
process.
ସେଇଟା ଯାହା ଅର୍ଡର ଅଛି ସେଟା ହିଁ ମୁଁ ଅଧିକା କିଛି କହୁନି ନା ଯୋଡୁଛି ଗୋଟେ ଲାଇନ ନା କମା ନା ଫୁଲ ଷ୍ଟପ୍ ଯାହା ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଇଥିଲେ କୋର୍ଟ ଆଗରୁ ସେଇ ଜିନିଷ ବାସ୍ ଇମ୍ପ୍ଲିମେଣ୍ଟ କରନ୍ତୁ ବୋଲି କହୁଛି ଆଉ କିଛି କହୁନି ହେଲା within 3 months from the date of receipt of the order and according to disposal ହେଲା ନହେଲେ ଦେଖିଆ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରାକ୍ଟ ଫାଇଲ କରିବି ଆଉ okay if I would like if the order has been complied with.
Till that they are not complied.
Sure.
Yes, I am sure that.
Okay.
Dispose of.
Next.
70.
70.
May I take your lordships? In this case, my counter has already
You are
been filed.
for?
I am for the petitioner, my lord.
You are for the petitioner.
My lord.
Counter has not been filed.
Counter has been filed, my lord.
Has been filed.
And in their counter, they have themselves avowed that the order of the sub-collector has not been complied till date, my lord. In
What is the order of the sub-collector?
order of the sub-collector, my lord.
What is
That
the
I
order?
have annexed, my lord. That is annexed 10, my lord.
I am the selected
Drawing
candidate.
page 24.
Just a minute.
Drawing page 24, my lord.
କଣ ଥିଲା order? The selection of
The
body worker.
my lord, the selection of Anganwadi worker for Kinchikhal Anganwadi Center is not made in accordance to para 3 of guideline of government WNCD department by the selection committee.
So
Hence,
this is the order of
appellate authority, my lord.
ତାପରେ
Hence, the CDPO Kasipur is directed to work out the percentage of class 8 marks of the candidates applied for Anganwadi worker of
that has
Kinchikhal
been done. That
Anganwadi.
verification is done.
My lord,
That verification exercise has been done.
not done, my lord. Nothing has been done in pursuance to the order of the sub-collector.
Okay.
And counter
No,
also.
no, I am appearing for the
they have-
opposite party number 4. The selected candidate, a counter copy has not been served upon me by the opposite party number 2. I am the selected candidate.
Who has you have filed the counter?
I am for the opposite party number 4.
That opposite party number 2, the appellate authority has filed the counter.
So a copy to be
Para
given to the
16
selected
of the
candidate.
Where is the counter?
Counter dated 10th January 2020.
Sir, page ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ନା.
My lords, may kindly peruse counter affidavit para 16, my lord.
And whether my
Internal page
learned friend
7
has
of the
the
counter
power.
affidavit para 16, my lord.
In para 16, they have avoided that with regard to avoidment made in para 15 of the writ petition. It is submitted that the order passed by the appellate court has not yet been acted upon.
The order
That
passed
is
by
in
the
the year
appellate court.
2010. What I pray, my lord, that is in the year 2010. That is the counter affidavit we have.
What is the present status? Take,
I'll
I'll ask the state to take the, what is the case, the present status of the case. In the meantime, if any counter has been filed to be exchanged with the parties. Counter rejoinder may be exchanged within party. Among the parties. Exchange among the parties.
A copy
Next.
to be served to opposite party number 4. That may be
Among the parties
specified.
Next.
Item 71.
71.
Your lordship has kept it to?
This matter on 9th August. Yes, next item. Draupadi Mahanti. Draupadi Mahanti ki hai? Nice. You are there?
I'm 72 minutes.
71.
71 ke na de? Stay paigala to gala ho gaya.
Interim order अच्छी से चलेगा.
लगा. Non appeals for the petitioner. List the matter on 3rd. Next.
72.
This came time for the petitioner. I pray will taken up next year. Brief is some other missing. I taken up. I pray for only time.
Okay. List the matter on 14th August.
Yes, ma'am.
You can take the break from here.
No, my lord, no interim order is there. My lord, I have been continuing. I am the selected candidate.
So, giving short date, 7th August.
Yes, ma'am. 7th August.
74.
24.
Item 74.
What is the present party's position?
But I am for the operator of 5. Although I
For
have.
the petitioner.
In this case, the counter has not been filed yet.
Why the counter? 2 weeks time granted to both the parties, 24th August.
I have filed my counter affidavit.
Copy them.
Yes. I already served. I shall serve again another.
Okay, next.
75.
75. None appears. None appears. The last occurrence also. I got that one. It seems that the petitioner is not interested to pursue the matter. They know that dismissed. Next.
76.
76, my lords had called for the original file of the original records of this case. Those have not come. My lord may pray for some time so that I can call for the original records.
Though this petition has been listed on several occasions in the past, and time has been taken to file the rejoinder. Twice. And it seems that the petitioner is not so serious to file the rejoinder.
This is not a count.
Last chance is granted to the petitioner to file the rejoinder within a week. List the matter on 3rd August. Next.
77,
Similar, I am for the opposite part number 6 headmaster. I appeared in 2015. Now I have a retired from service. So my power ceased already.
What is the your the relief you are seeking?
No, I am opposite part number 6.
They want the
I am
Anganwadi
the
center to
headmaster,
run
but I
inside
am
the-
already retired from service.
They want the Anganwadi center to operate inside the school premises. This was filed in 2015. It's now been 8 years. So
That time I opposed that.
Non-appears for the petitioner. And the cause of action is survived.
Nothing.
I mean,
It is
after
not
8 years
possible
of
also on that time because there are 3 rules.
Because the states submit that no cause of action survives anymore since the matter pertaining to 2015 accordingly dismissed. Next.
78,
38. Non-appears on earlier occasion also. On 13 to 2020 non-appears. Some defects have also been pointed out by the registry, which has not been removed. It seems that the petitioner is not serious in pursuing the matter, actually dismissed, non-prosecution. However, it is next.
79,
Right, legal Ossi, my lord. I am at VC Puri, my lord. My
Puri.
I am trial also trial.
पूरा पूरी आपण पूरी पूरा माडी बसती आउ
नहीं सर ट्रायल थिला तो ट्रायल थिला रही
काई पूरी एडवोकेट तो केबे मु देखुनी कि आर्ग्यू करिवार खाली आपण एका सेठी बसतांती आपण छडा के काहकु भी देखुनी
ट्रायल सर करू
दिस इज कॉल्ड एक्सप्रोप्रिएशन
सर ट्रायल रही तो नहीं पर
दिस इज नथिंग बट एक्सप्रोप्रिएशन
ट्रायल
Oh,
my responsibility, sir. The Lawrence single bench order dated 12th January 2018, my lord, has been challenged before the division bench, and division bench was refused to set aside Lawrence single bench order, remitting the matter for fresh adjudication. And for fresh, so far the promotional avenue is concerned in pursuance to petitions grievance regarding the post of the supervisor, my lord.
सर आपण से जो बीसी रे रहले ओपन कोर्ट वाले आर्ग्यू करंतु टिके स्लो जानतु अरे सुका पड़ियो इको इको एक कारण आपण पळइयो साइड रो हां
so case is like this, my lord.
Yes, go slow. If you read it will be speedier. If you don't read it will be automatically be slow. कागज देखंतु नि बेसी हां कागज कम देखंतु देखि ऑटोमेटिक लाइन रे पड़ी जिवो देखो आप धीरे धीरे कहंतु
Case is like this, my lord.
हां देखले केंदी पड़िले लाइन
Petitioner got appointment as Anganwadi worker and joined in service on 11/7/1983. Then my responsibility. So far DPC is concerned, DPC was held on 13/4/2011 towards a promotional benefit. And there are 9 persons selected. So far DPC is concerned. As per DPC held on 24/5/2011. But the petitioner's name was not found place. So my responsibility, please make a glance annexure 1 of the read petition, my lord.
What is the issue? Tell me in short. In dui line re kon to issue ta kon?
Third, my lord, promotion. So far the supervisor promotional avenue is concerned.
So आपण अंगनवाड़ी रो प्रमोशन को जिबे सुपरवाइजर को राइट
सुपरवाइजर मते देले गोटे दिन पे देले हाई कोर्ट ऑर्डर मुताबिक एवं ता पर दिन मते रिटायर हो गेलु किंतु मोर एलिजिबिलिटी होची मु पाइबा पई 24/5/2011 कारण 24
आपन पेंशन मिले कि इतने
आगे
पेंशन मिले
परिवार
अंगनवाड़ी पेंशन अछि
सैलरी बेनिफिट तो रेगुलर पोस्ट
एटा तो स्कीमेटिक पोस्ट इतने को रेगुलर पेंशन मिलियो स्कीमेटिक पोस्ट सर वर्ल्ड बैंक प्रोजेक्ट
ना 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 सेइतरे बाइलॉट सेइतरे 30% जाउछन माने प्रमोशनल बेनिफिट आ रेगुलर रिक्रूटमेंट के कुछ there are two type of
not
process
on that since you are saying your client has already been retired is there any pensionary benefit
but
it's a schematic post
my responsibility my seniority should be counted with effect
क्या करोगे सीनियरिटी लेके जब पेंशन ही नहीं है तो सीनियरिटी क्या कर लोगे बताओ
pension
when there is no pension what is the value of that seniority
pensionary benefit
अपन अरे सर अपन फर्स्ट अपन कैंसियर करो तो पेंशन अच्छी ना I don't think there is any pensionary benefit.
My client instructed there is a pensioner. He is entitled to get pensionary benefit as per the.
सरकार वकील जाने नहीं आपण क्लाइंट अधिक जानला सेवन डेली केस को जान ना दी
तेणु मोर सर गोटिए कथा 24/5/2011 एलिजिबल पीपीसी को ना रिकमेंडेशन करछि मु सेइ दिन पेंशन
okay let him take the instruction okay land council with the state to take instruction as to whether there is a pensionary benefit attached to the post of Anganwadi supervisor से पचार के आसम तापर देखिया I am sure नथिबो it is schematic post sir schematic post की pension benefit
my client instructed
जते दिन काम करले से दिन खाइले गला खत्म okay list the matter on 8th कर दे हला next आपण क्लाइंट को भलो के पचार से जाननी बोल काम से ना करछि जानिनी next
item number 80
Lord, I am for the petitioner, my lord. Government has filed the counter without serving copy to me, my lord. So lordship may direct for serving a copy.
16 रो दे आउट
दे दो भाई
म आउट दे
आपण केवे दियंतिनी काउंटर तो अभ्यास कल्चर नै आपण देबार
वो एक्स्ट्रा थिबो से भूल बहुत भूल नै गेलानी तनो मु दे
आपण काउंटर न देबा संस्कृति ता चेंज कर हला
मतलब मस्ट हैव बीन गिवन
must have been कोंतुनी must have been is a very vague word आपण दिया हितो आपण पाखरे प्रूफ नथिबो आपण साइन मान दिबे
आइल सब को इन सैंक्शन को
दुई हजार 21 रे गोटे न्यूज क्लिप बाहर थिला सेतरे देछि जे the Anganwadi workers in the state will now get their pension benefit on time thanks to P Geeta farmer को अलगा स्टेट रो पेराम्ब्रा इज तमिलनाडु रो तमिलनाडु रे किंतु ता देबा पे करछ ना हम स्टेट रे कोन पैसा देख
नहीं आई टेक इंस्ट्रक्शन
that is also not clearly saying that this pension I said minimum 1000 टंका दियंती गुटे ए नॉमिनल पेंशन 1000 टंका रो 2000 टंका देबा पे कोछि just for just like a जो old age pension बढ़िया है ना आम स्टेट अच्छी ना I'm not know this is a notional not fully our जिंदी normal employment पानी सेमती पाए
सीटा उटा गवर्नमेंट गोटे तांको डिमांड थिला जे पेंशन त नाही गोटे लमसम दियंतु
ही लमसम दोची 2000
सेटा से गवर्नमेंट से डिसीजन ता नहीं ने को
आम स्टेट रे आसाम रे अछि हो आपण इंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं देखला ओके नेक्स्ट
Interim order is there, man.
कौन सी लड़का कि मुझे जानता नहीं
item number 80 counter copy टा तांको पर देन
काउंटर देन तू
Okay.
Counter the land counter the state to
I'll serve a copy
of the counter. rejoinder e-pending be filed within 1 week thereafter,
2 weeks, my lord.
2 weeks thereafter. Okay, 23 August. Next,
Interim order was also there.
interim order to continue. Okay, next,
81.
81.
In 2009, there was an advertisement for the post of Anganwadi worker.
Yes.
Right, annexure 1.
अब कौन हला पॉइंट तो सीधा पॉइंट को आसंतु म आउ एते इतिहास कहंतुनी सीधा पॉइंट को आसंतु इतिहास मु पढिया पे अछि आपण
I am residing at Malarbadia.
So basically this is a residential certificate issue.
Yes.
हला
Yes.
को जगह पोस्ट बाहर एडवर्टाइजमेंट
Malarbadia.
स्टेट एडवर्टाइजमेंट को आसंतु एडवर्टाइजमेंट काई
Advertisement I have not annexed.
हां सेटा तो
But-
नोटिस लगेबनी तो असल कथा को जगह पे बाहर
Malarbadia.
हां
Malarbadia.
आपण ये एटा को बढ़िया रे अछि
Malarbadia.
रेजिडेंशियल सर्टिफिकेट
Malarbadia. I have applied to the Tahsildar.
ताल काट देले
आगे
ताले आपण रेजिडेंशियल कम काट देले
मत काट दे तो
आपण कंटिन्यू करछन
हाँ मु 11 मसर कंटिन्यू करछि
अच्छा you are who is challenging that?
who is not such
You are challenging.
he is challenging my appointment.
आपण एपडा आसंतु पिटिशनर आगे रहिबो ना
मु I am petitioner.
My lord, is serious with the
कौन है
petition,
आपण चैलेंज करछन आपण तो
my lord, he is challenging the order of cancellation of the certificate.
स्टेटस दे चलछन
My lords,
हाई कोर्ट द्वारा चलछन आपण
my lords, I can say also.
से आपण स्टेटस को रे चलछन तो
Stay his.
हां सही
आगे
सही तो
आगे
अच्छा द नाउ क्वेश्चन इज आपण समस्त को कहछि गुटे जो भी अंगनवाड़ी काम करछन गुटे पेज रे रिलेटिव मेरिट ऊपर गुटे चार्ट बने देबे सबुट बेस्ट धरे देबे 2 मिनिट लागबे मैटर खत्म फटाफट सरी
This is a also my lord.
काली गुटे फॉर्मेट बने दो चिके दो समस्त से फॉर्मेट रे रिप्लाई देबे हला जोडे गुटे एपटे ई कैंडिडेट हला सिलेक्टेड कैंडिडेट अनसक्सेसफुल कैंडिडेट लीडर हला टेबल फर्स्ट हला फर्स्ट थिंग एजुकेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन यार रहते ना यार रहते सेकंड रेजिडेंशियल सर्टिफिकेट यार अछि यार नाही थर्ड ए तो दे दे हे गला कोन आइतरे अछि अननेसेसरी ताको पूरा एते बुली बगे पूरा से बडवारी रॉकेट साइंस बडे एक्सप्लेन करे कोन दरकार so
From the improved order, your lordship can satisfy. I can satisfy my lord.
I am for the
Yes, yes, my lord.
let's go to the improved order
My lords.
improved order just छोटी कोड अछि
मतलब I am residing at Malarbadia.
sir improved order
Is annexure 8.
annexure 8 okay this is Manmat Kumar Pani
My lords.
okay से को paragraph अछि
My relevant is
the case in brief is that a selection committee of Anganwadi worker had selected Srimati Sangamitra Jana. You are for Sangamitra Jana.
I am for Prabhati Misra. Sangamitra
earlier से selected.
she left.
Sangamitra stood first. I am
Out of
second.
3 valid contesting candidates for the post of Anganwadi worker on merit in respect of Malar Badia Anganwadi Center, as she had scored highest percentage of marks in pursuant to advertisement. She's out of the scene.
She left.
The service area of the said Anganwadi Center covers the village Malar Badia only, while Srimati Sangamitra Jana Pradhan did not join the set post. Selection committee Anganwadi worker again selected Srimati Prabhati Misra. You are for
I am for
Prabhati Misra Panda for the state post Anganwadi worker, as she was the second in the merit list. So she had been engaged in the said post with Miss Mitrani Praharaj, that is your candidate. Your candidate?
My lords.
Mitrani Praharaj Misra, who was third in the merit list, had challenged the engagement of Srimati Prabhati Misra before the Honorable High Court Orissa on the ground that Srimati Prabhati Misra was not permanent resident within the service area Malarwadi Anganwadi Center. The Honorable High Court Orissa had directed the petitioner Srimati Miller to prefer appeal for redressal of the additional district marshal Balesar. तो remit हेगला तापरे कोन हला remit हला
My lord, here the real crux of the matter. My lord, Running page 26, let's say.
Last is the learned advocate status, the residential certificate bearing
This is right.
107 of 2010, which is contrary to the fact filled by the respondent one with her application form for selection of Anganwadi workers shall not be accepted, allowed based on the above documentary evidence. Also, so the appeal was allowed. Appeal by
Me, my lords.
by you. That was allowed. So she has challenged that.
She's challenging here.
So appeal allowed on what ground? Appeal allowed on the ground that
because of the fact that she is not belongs to the Anganwadi area by producing a false residence certificate with the authority.
so you have shown that false residential certificate?
Pardon, my lords?
False residential
Up to
certificate.
the inquiry, the additional, this para is containing everything, my lords. He has reported a miscase number, my lord, 107 of 2010 by annexing it, my lord, ROR, who is showing the same is of village Lizinga of Millarvada Center. The same has been annexed to the application by my lord and senior. Let's see, may kindly have a glance to that. Please, sir. Running page 16, ma. Running page 16 of the brief. Running page 16, my lord. Let's see, got it, ma. The basing upon which he got the resident certificate.
Running page?
16 of the writ application.
16. 16.
My lord, here is ROR given. Let's will found Bhaskar Chandra Panda, Prabhakar Panda, Sudhakar Panda, Pita Jatindra Panda, Jati Brahmana, village Nagua, my lords. Not Malarvadia.
Village?
Nagua.
Who did it?
But the ROR speaks, my lord.
Oh, you thought it.
Yes, my lord.
Malbar.
Anganwadi Center is Malarvadia, my lord. Not of Nagua. How he parsed the certificate.
Anganwadi Center is Malarvadia.
Malarvadia.
But she already stays in Malarvadia.
By producing this ROR, he obtained a certificate from the Tahsildar, showing that his village is Nizga of Malarvadia. That was important. My lord, ROR, my lord, on his page 16, my lord, of the writ application by annexed by my lord and senior.
Okay.
My lord, Odisha Sarkar, next is Khata number 13. My lord, Bhaskar Chandra Panda starts from
Gana.
Ba Juda Baya Mane Ga Nagua.
Nijani.
My lords.
Nijani na kono lage.
Nagua.
Nagua kodi.
See it, man. See jagata.
Oh, okay. So, आपने कहा था ये इटा को देखे कि सेवन काटी थी.
That is the finding of the my lord additional.
Okay. आपने.
Then my lord, how did that help again? ताको निजो नारे, वो नारे certificate बाहर कभी चंदी. एवं village Nagua हिसाब रे resident certificate. You will see me kindly have a glance to my counter affidavit. निजो husband नारे बाहर कभी income side of village Nagua, not of Malarvadia. Another minor certificate was issued in favor of this petitioner by the same Tahsildar in favor of Malarvadia has been cancelled by annexer C by 4 to my counter, running page 20, my lords.
Annexer?
Sorry, my lord.
C by 4.
D by, sorry, extremely sorry.
D by 4.
My lord, it is.
Not coming under mini Anganwadi Center, Malarvadia.
My lords. My lord, your lordship will the finding of the that while cancelling that certificate, a finding was given that your lordship will found at page running page 8 of my counter affidavit. The finding of the
report of Anganwadi Center. Okay, understood.
Running page 14 of my counter lordship got it, my lord.
14.
Running page 14 of my counter affidavit. A income certificate which was issued in favor of the petitioner has been cancelled, and the ground of cancellation is, my lord, you will got to get it at page 18.
Like that.
May I read it?
Yes, please.
However, from observation of all the documents and inquiry report of the RA and the residence certificate number so and so residence of 2012 and residence certificate so on 2013, it revealed that Srimati Prabhati Panda, man of the present petitioner, wife of Ajay Panda, possessed Gharabari land in both the villages, Negua and Malarvadia, which are adjacent to each other. She's showing different record in different time. Her family members have been getting certificate in both the villages, but actually Mrs. Panda, wife of Ajay Kumar Panda,
reading, I'm not still getting.
running page 18, ma'am. Order sheet of the council that while cancelling the another resident certificate is
Running page 8.
Running page 18, 1/8, my lord, of my counter affidavit. Counter affidavit of opposite party number, my lords, 4.
D4, which is that?
Opposite party number 4's counter affidavit, my lord. Running page 18.
Yes. Okay.
My lord, however, from observation, got it, my lordship, 18 pages.
Yes.
However, from observation of all the documents and inquiry report of RI and residence certificate bearing number so-and-so dated so-and-so, Srimati Prabhati Panda, man of the present petitioner, wife of Ajay Kumar possessing Gharabari land in both the villages, Negua and Malarvadia, which are adjacent to each other, showing different record in different time. Her family members have been getting certificate in both the villages, but actually.
Okay. ठीक है आप बुझिगली आपण कौन you have to say anything.
I'll call go to document. I will conclude my argument. Then let's see me come to page 20 of that next paragraph, next page, next one and page 20 of that counter affidavit, which I'm reading, my lord. Her appointment data.
That in the resubmission has been allowed then.
Pardon, my lord.
He has been resubmission. Prabhati Panda has been allowed for resubmission.
No, my lord, the conclusion here the cancelled certificates are cancelled by the thousand because he has misleading the got all those certificates that have been cancelled. That is that I'm going to show from paragraph 18 and 19, my lords.
Anyway, okay, ठीक है.
Next, my lord, page 20 of that counter affidavit. When appointment order, what has been issued, my lord? In case of any certificate produced by the candidate, at the time of submission of the application, at the time of joining, is not found genuine, an engagement will be terminated without assigning any reason there. Yes. That is the appointment letter. And lastly, let's see, in page 21, annexure D/4 of that counter affidavit, my lords. Page 21, annexure D/4. This is the basis basing upon which his appointment has been cancelled. May I read it, man? With reference to the subject cited above, I have to inform you that it is a letter addressed to the additional district magistrate who has passed the impugned data by the Tahsildar. With reference to subject cited above, I am to inform you that Mr. Prabhati Misra Panda, wife of Ajay Panda of Gharabari land in both the villages, is Malarvadia and Negua. She managed to get Miss certificate.
Okay, sir, I understood. Apna kaun tu, sir. Whatever his allegation, just prove it.
I am for the petition.
Yes, please. The allegation already made, and on the basis of document.
All are false.
So how? Tell me how false.
Yes, mother, see for the moment annexure 1. Annexure 1 is the identity card.
Identity card कहाँ रहो?
Malarvadia is the petitioner.
कहाँ रहो?
Petitioner.
Case करची.
Election Commissioner of India.
Election Commissioner of India. Election Commissioner of India. ये Malarvadia लिखी.
Again.
Allowed की setting allowed होतला. Election Commissioner of India और card ता allowed होतला.
I will proving that I am.
Election गोटे लोक suppose जाने लोक गोटे गाँव रे थिबो voter card काढे दे बाहर के आउट गाँव के पड़े residential city से अनुआपन क्रेडिट होची. So election commissioner card city थाई पारे, but he might be having another residential status, right?
Gramo Stano. It is mentioned Gramo Stano Malarvadia.
Okay, first election commission card. How
Then annexure 2.
Annexure 2. Okay.
The Tahsildar has issued residential certificate, village Malarvadia.
But that is based on wrong report, he's saying.
He will
Not
say
he,
everything.
sir, he's reading from the report. He's not saying anything.
He's reading.
I am not saying this,
Till
madam.
He's not
From the record.
He's
What I am
giving
submitting on the
100%
record,
false
madam.
statement.
This is a report of the
No,
Tahsildar.
Till date, my lords, the annexed 2, page 15, 7, 110 is not been challenged by anybody.
Any challenge ko ta chadantu apan.
Again, on that
Okay,
basis,
next point. Next
on
point.
that basis,
Next point.
on that basis, I got the appointment.
Okay, next point. Okay.
Then the annexed page 16, it is 2011 residential certificate by the Tahsildar mentioned in the Malarvadia. Then page 17.
Page 16, my lord, is either submitted wrong. It
Anyway,
is not, it is
let-
not,
let
not
me
one,
find
not
out, sir.
Malarvadia.
I know that. I know. Let him complete. Tapare?
Then page 16,
Yes.
the residential certificate 2011.
Okay, that I've seen. Next.
Yes.
One.
In 2009, there was an advertisement post of the Anganwadi worker.
Back to ସେଟା ତ ଗଲାଣି ଗଲାଣି ସେ ଆପଣ ସିଧା ଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଟ୍ ଆପଣ ଡିଫେଣ୍ଡ କରନ୍ତୁ
At the,
advertisement ତ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଲି
with the application, I have filed the residential certificate of annexed 2 by mentioning I am residing at village Malarvadia.
Okay.
On that basis, selection was done. 3 candidates had applied for that post. The who stood first, he is
Okay, that I
not joined.
Anything else?
Thereof the second person is I have joined in 2011.
Okay.
But as per the Anganwadi worker rules, my lords, rules D7, 7 days time will be given for filing of objection, if any, by the community on the issue of nativity, educational qualification and caste certificate. After preparing the list, if any candidates have said that he is not residing in that village, within 7 days, he will submit the objection.
Okay. Anything else?
2010 was their selection. Nobody has submitted any objection before the CDPO. In 2013, he has challenged my appointment order.
Okay.
In Anganwadi appeal number 9 of 13.
Okay.
The additional district magistrate, without going through the documents and my residence certificate, he has rejected.
Okay.
My appointment and directed for
That's why you have come here, right?
issuance of the certificate. Against that order, I have moved before this honorable court. See, I have filed an
That's
affidavit.
all, sir. I तो आपण note दे देलो.
No, see, no, I am not cleared, mother.
ଆଉ କଣ clear?
ନା, ଅଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା, ବହୁତ ଅଛି।
କଣଟା clear କରିବି?
This honorable-
ସେଇ ସେଟାକୁ repeat କଲେ କଣ ମିଳିବ?
ନା ସିଏ ମୁଁ କିଛି କହିନି ଆଜ୍ଞା, ସିଏ ତ ସବୁ କହିଗଲେ।
ସେଇ ଜିନିଷ।
ସିଏ କହିଗଲେ ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଆଉ କଣ ଦେବେ ମତେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ?
This
written note submission.
ନା ଦେବି ଯେ this honorable court specifically directed by quashing that impugned order.
Sir, see honorable court କଣ କଲା ସେ ଛାଡନ୍ତୁ ତା ପରେ ସେ ଏବେ challenge କରିଥିଲେ આપણે ଏଟାର କଥା କୁହନ୍ତୁ।
High Court order
ସେତେବେଳେ କଣ କରିଥିଲା ସେ
High Court ଯୋଉ direction ଦେଲେ ସେ certificate ଟାକୁ ଯୋଉ ସେ verify କରିବା କଥା ତାକୁ ଆଦୌ touch କଲେ ନାହିଁ।
ସେଟା କଣ କଲେ verification ନ କରି କେମିତି order pass
କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆଜ୍ଞା, ମୁଁ ଆଗ ପଢି ଦଉଛି ଗୋଟେ ଖାଲି High Court order ଟା।
High Court order ରେ ମୁଁ verification କରିନି ବୋଲି ଆପଣ କଣ proof ଅଛି?
ସେ ପା ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ଯୋଉ 12 ମସିହାରେ ଯୋଉ ରେସିଡେନ୍ସିଆଲ cancel
High Court order ଦେବ ସେମିତି residential କୋଉ ହିସାବରେ ମୁଁ ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ବାଛିବି ଯେ ଆଜ୍ଞା କଲେ କି ନ କଲେ ବୋଲି।
when he is
responsible officer is
when
order definitely
yes,
must have gone through that.
yes, he has not gone through the residence certificate.
ଆପଣ note ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ନା note ଦେବା କାଇଁ ଟିକେ ଶୁଣି ସାରନ୍ତୁ
ଶୁଣି ତ କଣ ଶୁଣି ତ ସେଇଟା repeat
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେ ତ suppress କରିକି ସବୁ କହି ଦେଲେ ଆପଣ
suppress ମୁଁ ଦୁଇଟା ଦେଖି ସାରିଛି
ନା ଦେଖି ନାହାନ୍ତି ଆଜ୍ଞା High Court order ଟା
କି ଏତେ ଛୋଟ ଜିନିଷଟାକୁ ତ ଆପଣ ଖାଲି ସେ
ହଜୁରଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଛୋଟ ଇଏ ଯୋଉ ଗରିବ ଲୋକ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଏଟା ବହୁତ ବଡ
ରିପିଟେସନ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
ମୁଁ ଆଦୌ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ତୁମେ ତାକୁ ଭେରିଫାଇ କରି ଅର୍ଡର
କରିଛି
ଦେଇ ଆଦୌ ଯାଇନା
ଆପଣ କହିଦେଲେ ମୁଁ ମାନିଯିବି ନା
ସେ ଅର୍ଡର କରିଛନ୍ତି ତାକୁ ଆଦୌ ଟଚ୍
କରି ଭେରିଫାଇ କରିନି ତାପରେ କଣ ହେଲା କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଫଟାଫଟ
the Tahsildar is the rejection of residential 2012.
Okay.
But the residential certificate submitted at the time of application 2010. The 2000 residential certificate, nobody has challenged till today.
Okay, next.
And the High Court specifically directed to the ADM to inquire whether the certificate, residential certificate.
ସେଟା ସେ କରିକି ସେମାନେ past order କରିଛନ୍ତି
କରି ନାହାନ୍ତି ଆଜ୍ଞା କରି
ମୁଁ କେମିତି ଜାଣିବି କରି
ସେଇ order ରେ ଅଛି
proof କରି ନାହାନ୍ତି ବୋଲି କୁହନ୍ତୁ
ସେଇ
ଆପଣ କରି ନାହାନ୍ତି ବୋଲି କହୁଛନ୍ତି କୋଉ ବେସିସ୍ ରେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
ସେ ଯୋଉ 2012
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ hold on आपण जो कहउछन करी नाहंती को
आज्ञा।
बेसिस रे कहउछन कोन बेसिस अछि
से
ट्रायल कोर्ट नै जे मुझे करछि कि ना करछि चेक करी आई विल प्रिज्यूम दैट इट इज डन
ना प्रिज्यूम ताकर ऑर्डर टा अछि बस
ऑर्डर कोन देखांतु मते जे कोन करी नाहंती बोली करी
आज्ञा
हां देखांतु कोड लिखा अछि करी नाहंती बोली
It is
show me where it is said that it is not done
if I make one submission, my counter at annexure A/2 at page 10. My counter means my lord, this counter affidavit
A/2
of 2.
काउंटर आगे मत से देना ते भाई ओपी नंबर 2 till date he not sought the counter
give a counter copy यार दे दो
That type annexed in my counter affidavit, I have also before, let's say. What my learning senior.
I have not said government had filed counter, but till date is not sought copy.
give a counter कोड counter अछि हमरो
मतलब
Counter by OP number 2, my lord.
मतलब page 31 page 31
page 31
ADM order
ADM order कथा कोन
ADM order पर पढी सारछि आपण पढन
ना आपण कहले बा कोर्ट से ऑब्जर्व
हां सेटा कोन पढ
the Tahsildar Bhograi has observed in the said cancellation order that the respondent one has been residing with the family village Negua and her thatched house built in village Malarabadia is used really as outhouse. But the residential certificate issued in favor of the respondent one on 7/1/2010 by the miscase number 10710 speaks that she is a permanent resident of the village Malarabadia.
It is
High Court directed.
It is a submission of the council before the
submission.
मते allow करना कि
हम किसी को
allow
नहीं नहीं अपन को तो है
आपण पळले भी ऑर्डर पास करी एफिडेविट रे एटा रिफ्लेक्ट होउनी आपण कहली मु जे आपण को से जो ऑर्डर पास कला ले आपण को जो तो डॉक्यूमेंट वेरीफाई हेनी बोली जो कहउछन सेटा को अथि अछि देखा दो
से आदो है
आपनकर एफिडेविट में कोन
आदो से विषय
आपन एफिडेविट रे
आदो से विषय से डिस्कशन करना चाहिए रीडिंग
आपन कोन से देखा दो मते
it reveals from the page 30 it reveals from the premises that the respondent is a permanent resident of a village Nagua as the respondent certificate issued in favor of miscase certificate number 2577 she is a elector of Nagua and is a elector of such Bhograi Assembly Council the husband of the person is the resident of the village Negua as per the income certificate issued in favor of the miscase the son of the respondent is the resident of village Negua as was such and such issued by the certificate the respondent is the resident of village Negua as per the cancellation order dated 27/9/13 passed by the Tahsildar Bhograi in resident miscase number 576912. The Tahsildar Bhograi have observed that in the state council order that the respondent has been residing with her family in village Negua and her thatched house built in the village Malaravida
is rarely as outhouse rarely as outhouse
but the resident certificate issued in favor of the respondent one on 7/1/10 by miscase number 10710 speaks that she is the permanent resident of village Malarvadia. It is obvious that the respondent one has suppressed the fact that her residential dwelling house is situated in Negua. It reveals from the aforesaid papers that she had applied the residence certificate mentioning the name of Malarvadia, affixing a for the overwritten ROR number 13 of the village Malarvadia with the application form with an ulterior motive. The RI Khakhada had not properly inquired about the situation of the dwelling house, residence of the respondent, and submitted his report. Thus, the respondent one had managed to obtain the above residence certificate from the village Bhograi, where the village has been reflected in Malarvadia instead of Nagua. No doubt, this certificate had been issued in the suppression of the fact by the respondent one, and on the basis of the vast inquiry report submitted by the RI Khakhada. This court is inclined to feel that the respondent one had managed to obtain the residence certificate for the Tahsildar Bhograi on 7/1/10 by the miscertificate case number such and such, which is contrary to the fact. The name of the village of respondent one has been mentioned in Malarvadia instead of Nagua. The said residence certificate issued in favor of the respondent has no intrinsic value, though it has not yet been declared void by the competent authority. The respondent now
the detail discuss kala discuss everything has been discussed.
Residential certificate
everything discuss
जो basis रे residential
basis
application by submitting ROR by submitting ROR
ROR तो wrong ROR देखिए आपण बनै से डीसीआर देखला कोन भूल गला
आर टा ठीक अच्छे आगे
आज्ञा आपण कहले ठीक ले हेजिबो ना से रेस्पोंसिबल ऑर्डर देजु
आगे पेज 17 देखंतु
जते पेज बुलेले भी सेटा आसी
अजय कुमार पंडा माय हस्बैंड खाता नंबर 29/15 Mother, see for the moment, inquiry report submitted by the RI, page 12 of my rejoinder. आगे पढ़ दूची आपण को आदेश मते मौजा मालार बाड़िया को जाई विवरणी उक्त ग्राम रे खाता नंबर 29/15 सिंग्स प्लॉट नंबर 63 घर बाड़ी 8 डिसमिल अजय कुमार पंडा अजित कुमार पंडा संजीत कुमार पंडा पिता भास्कर पंडा वगैरह नाम रे रेकर्ड थाई निज गाँ बोली दर्शा अच्छी तदंतर जनागला उक्त प्लॉट रे थिबा एक छोट गृह निर्माण होई अच्छी एवं परिवेश रु जना जाए उक्त गृह
से ऑर्डर भी से कथा लिखा है
ना
आपण जो एबे पढिले से कथा लिखा है
पढी दे देखो
मौजा रिपिटेशन कले कोन मिलबो सेही कथा लिखि सेठी
ना ना से कहि जे मोर घर अछि
एंती गुडी घर देबे के अकाल सकाळ दिन जाउथबे से घर के बंद कर देथु कहले हम घर एंती हबो अब रेसिडेंशियल कंटीन्यूअसली
इलेक्ट्रिक नै छी पानी अछि आउ कोन
था कोन हैला
इलेक्ट्रिक अछि पानी अछि घर अछि
देयर पानी
रेसिडेंशियल सर्टिफिकेट अछि आउ कोन खेतर इलेक्ट्रिक लास्ट पारा मौजा मालारबाड़िया गृहटी मध्य तांकर पैतृक वृत्ति अटे जहाँकि गत बंदोबस्त रे खाता नंबर 13 थिला एवं भास्कर पंडांकर नाम रे रेकर्ड थिला उक्त गृह रे मध्य तांकर एक गृह उक्त वृत्ति रे मध्य तांकर एक गृह अछि
सर गोटे कथा सुनतो गोटे गोटे लोक गाँ रे 4-5टा गाँ रे जमी थाए गोटे गोटे घर छोट छोट छाड़ी देथांती सब गाँ रे रेसिडेंस ने गोटे गाँ रे रेसिडेंस था सेमती आइछि आपण केसटा
ना मोर सेटा
आज्ञा गोटे मिनिट कथा जिंस बुझी होउछि आपण जेते बुलेले भी सेही
ना बुझिए वर्तमान समाज रे जाउछि 2000
ओके आपण रिटर्न
ना आज्ञा आउरी कोन मोर
आउ कोन से कथा रिपीट करी मु
2007 2000
आर्गुमेंट करबे पूरा टू दी पॉइंट टक टक कहि सेटा रिपीट बुली
2007 there was a dispute between the family members.
I am not going to all this.
The husband of
I am on the issue of certificate.
No, सेटा नहीं.
That
fact.
आपण क्लोज करो तो
when the dispute arose high, the husband of the petitioner he has
आउ अननेसेसरी सुनिबिनी सर्टिफिकेट कथा कहले सर्टिफिकेट डिस्कस हेगला खत्म
सर्टिफिकेट डिस्कस
आउ किछि नाही किछि मैटर नाही ओनली सर्टिफिकेट इशू सर सर्टिफिकेट इज फॉल्स और करेक्ट रॉन्ग और राइट दैट्स ऑल आउ एते बुले संसार जाकर कथा गप सुनेले म कोन सुनिबी
अगा मु on which basis I have got the
that is what residential certificate the ADM has already on the basis of Tahsildar report found that it is I mean you are not the resident of that village matter ends आपण जेते बोलेले मैटर कोन आइबो
आगे से
रिटन सबमिशन देंतो हम सुनिबी
जो प्रीवियस जो अछि ताका रिपोर्ट सेही अनुसार से आगे ऑर्डर करबे
रिटन सबमिशन आउ से
आगे मु देबी आगे आउ
रिपीटेशन बिल्कुल अलाउड नाही
आगे
रिपीटेशन हम सुनिबी
ना मु रिपीट करना नुवा कथा आगे देबी
आउ कोन नुवा कथा
आगे मतलब पेज 9 ऑफ माय रिजेंडर
सेटा को खाली बुले बुले से कथा
कोन हो नुवा नहीं पेज 9 ऑफ रिजेंडर that residential issued by the Tahsildar
सेही तहसीलदार रिपोर्ट दे बेसिस रे हिची सेटा
मालर बढ़िया
आज्ञा मु पढी सारछि आपण भाबंतु आपण फाइल मु पढी ना एंटी
तहसीलदार issued the certificate मालर बढ़िया 2016
मु डॉक्यूमेंट जीविनी सर
डॉक्यूमेंट आके देछि मु डॉक्यूमेंट रे मु
सब कैंसिल अछि मु देखि से
डॉक्यूमेंट देछि आगे 2016
ओके आपण दे दियन मते रिटन सबमिशन
सेम तहसीलदार है issued
आपण सब जिंस लिखि के मते रिटन सबमिशन दियन
आगे देबी
हां दियन
देन मालर
नेक्स्ट आइटम
the another is matter
item number 83
टाइम वेस्ट करछन कहले एई जे कथा को बारंबार
item number 83
but there in the
written submission दे दियंतु आ जहा कहया कथा से लिखि दियंतु हला आई विल गो थ्रू पासवर्ड आ सेही कथा आ किछि आसीबनी सेही सेटा बुले बुले कहबी आ किछि नै
ना से तो गोटे इशू तो गोटे जे मोती
सर गोटे केस रे हार्डली गोटे किबा फाळे इशू थाए सेही इशू को एड्रेस कर देला मैटर 2 मिनिट सर आ सेटा आपण बुलेई जरबे म ताको एते सेटा को पूरी
करी स्ट्रांगली अपोज करे अपोजिट पार्टी एटा बहुत समय
अछि आपण करिवे जे बट जेटे अछि सेटा आपण प्रूफ करि पर नाहंती
के मु प्रूव कर जबा के
prove kali sir.
Your state
Trial
review.
court.
मु आज्ञा
Mura
सेठी
trial court रे बसिली sir. I will go by the report of the ADM तहसीलदार तांको report रे जीबी. मो trial court थोड़ी बसिकी ताका आउथरे re-examine करिवि. I don't have that.
1 minute
Appellate order
of their counter annexure A/4 page 11
पढ़ंतु.
income certificate who has applied God knows it
certificate
ए authority issue कला ना मो से आपण आवे ते
नहीं जे
don't
receive
stretch the issue to
जे receive
you file a reply. Next item.
My lord, I'll file counter in this case.
For example, matter 2020, my lord. It is a teeny matter, my lord. One
teeny matter.
disposal.
For next time, don't to next day to finally hard court.
रही गले संगे संग disposal.
ए फाइल जी रिप्लाई फाइल जी इधर रिप्लाई फाइल जी
Fail. 84.
Seem to not have the brief. Password काम देखी दूँ I'll just check.
For next time, I'll
File करेंगे
अरे 4x time देवी नहीं मुझ old matter finish it quickly
2020
only 1 week is granted to you
2 weeks दे दें तो
file it
छुट्टी हो 2 weeks
okay 2 weeks
2 weeks दे दें तो
and fixed date
14th August
yes
all the parties
yes ma'am
the opposite parties to file the reply as a last chance opposite parties to file the reply within 2 weeks and the petitioner to file a rejoinder if any with another 1 week that is this the matter on 18 rest
yes ma'am
18 madam.
Next
item number 85.
85
My lord, in this case, counter is required, but subject to condition that I file a IA. They have not paid my salary for the days I have worked. The days Anganwadi. Only I have been dismissed for that I got married. That is the only reason behind that. Before marriage, I was serving the place, my remaining in my father's place. But thereafter, I got married, and only that ground they have disengaged me. That will. On reply, that will be known, but at present I pray.
Because they that when I was on that day, I was also thinking that.
But there is
wrong.
no.
But one thing I think. So when you are getting married in another village, so why do they need that residential certificate? The residential certificate is required because if you stay in that village, you can serve the village better. If you stay in some other village, coming to the village, serving in the village.
My lord, prior to marriage,
most of the girls stay in their father's house.
But I used to stay there. In Anganwadi guidelines, there is no such provision, my lord, that if someone will got married, she is to lose her job. Throughout the Anganwadi guidelines, I will show you after filing of the counter. But my respectful submission is that I have filed a miscase 25508, wherein I have worked for the days, but my salaries have not been given. That is reported in RTI Act. That is also with my lordship.
You have not got salary from which date to which date?
My lord, that is with you in my miscase. I have got salary from 2016 to 2019. That is due 1,53,910 rupees. It is reported by the authority.
Where is that page?
My lord, my miscase, that is 25508.
25508. 49. Miscase again.
Main case. 25508 the main case.
The main case, right? Main case the petition 25508.
Sorry,
it's not miscase.
My lord, I have given the miscase, but the number is not with me.
Let them file the reply. File the reply with respect to that also.
Yes, sir. That may be fixed because I am waiting for the salary since last 2019.
17, August 17. Okay. You give him a copy. Miscase copy also. Give him a copy.
I have submitted.
Okay. Now consider this petitioner to serve a copy of the miscase. On council of the state. List and matter and land council of the state shall take steps to file the counter affidavit at the earliest possible, preferably within a period of 2 weeks. This is the matter on 23rd August.
Obliged.
Next.
Item number 86.
Last occasion, your lordship already had the matter, my lord, and directed me to submit the written
submission.
note of submission.
No.
I'll file by tomorrow.
In this case, I am for the opposite party. I have already submitted written to Parliament.
By tomorrow, I'll file the written note
Okay,
of
file it tomorrow. ପରଦିନ ଲଗେଇଦେ ହେଲା?
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
State has
check
already
କରିବା।
filed.
Next.
Item number 87.
87.
87, my lord, counter has been filed by the opinion 1 and 2. 2 weeks time for rejoinder, but all the opposite
time
party.
granted for rejoinder. OP1
OP1 and 2 file counter.
file. And 3.
3, 4, 5, the private party, they have not filed counter.
Okay.
Government-
Counter is awaited from 3, 4, 5.
No, 4, 5, 6 private party. 3 is the CDPO Kendrappa.
4, 5, 6 acha. CDPO is also from there. 1, 2, 3 the same gote na.
Huh. 4, 5, 6
Okay.
private.
This is the matter on 16th August. Next.
Oblige me.
Item number 88.
Your Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of Mr. S.B. Jana. Your Lordship, I have filed an IA for amendment that has not been reflected, Your Lordship.
Amendment for?
Amendment for incorporation of 3 paragraphs which are subsequently
Okay,
development.
fine.
Your Lordship, this is a matter relating to the petitioner challenging the selection of OP number 7. Your
Okay,
Lordship.
you have filed the amendment application.
Yes, Your Lordship. IA number 10369.
Pass over, my lord, kindly.
The consolidated file karo. Consolidated petition.
Yes,
To change na, you have to file a consolidated rate petition so that in that consolidated everything should get reflected.
Okay, Your Lordship.
File a consolidated rate petition. Amendment application is allowed. The petitioner is directed to file a consolidated rate petition.
Amendment
Lordship, and kindly grant time for filing of rejoinder.
Asin. Our file asin. Kya I file ki?
Yes, Your Lordship.
I the asin.
IA number 10369 of 2023.
Asin yam pakde nahi.
Filed on 11/7/2023. Your Lordship.
11.
11/7.
अबे नहीं दिख रहा।
It has been not been
File
recorded.
है, file है।
Lordship, in the meantime, I will file rejoinder, Your Lordship, kindly.
I file it, no problem. File it.
Next date. Date, next date, Your Lordship.
24th August.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Next.
89.
89. 89.
88.
88 पर 24th August. 24th August.
I am for the opposite party mandate.
हाँ ही same matter था.
Yes, Your Lordship, he is for opposite party number 7.
ठीक है
Private
कॉपी
opposite.
को देवे आपण कंसिडर जो रिपिटिशन कॉपी
Yes, Your Lordship.
मॉडिफाई कला पर जो करछि ता कॉपी देवे
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Item number 89.
My lord, 89 in the non-county for the state
I
has
will
to
file
file
counter
counter
2 weeks
affidavit.
2 weeks time to file the counter 24th August.
My lord, date.
24th August.
My lord, okay.
Item number 90.
90.
May I please, Your Lordship?
There are 2 writ applications, Your Lordship. अपना चलिए करें।
ମୁଁ ଏଥିରେ intervener ଅଛି. Lordship, this my praise, my lord, this case has become infructuous.
Why?
Because my lord,
Take care of it. Okay.
कौन तू
my lord,
कौन पे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर से कौन तू
infructuous, my lord, the advertisement is issued by the CDPO and basing upon which one appointment was issued in favor of the petitioner. The present interpretation challenged that advertisement before the ADM, and ADM has been pleased to quash that advertisement. I have for that.
क्वास कला पर तापर सेटा को से अपन चैलेंज करछि
No, no, no. ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି କ୍ୱାସ୍ ହେଇଛି ବୋଲି।
My lord,
I have not been made
my
a
lord, I
party
have
there.
filed
I
an-
do not know.
I have filed one IA for
Your
intervention.
Lordship, may kindly bear
And
with
this,
me.
I have come with certificate.
जदी सुनो जदी सेही ऑर्डर टा क्वास हेई जायछि
Yes,
ऑलरेडी
this case is.
ताले ते केस नो मोर
My lord, I have come with certificate.
Your Lordship, may kindly visualize. The state has also not come forward to say anything else. State has filed a counter.
एनीवे he check it
ମୁଁ ତ
You-
ଏବେ 4/7
Your Lordship, may kindly see.
काम से कॉपी टा दे दे
ପରେ ଯଦି ମତେ ଗୋଟେ
ସେ
copy
କପିଟା ମତେ ଗୋଟେ ବି କପି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
हां
My lord, I have filed an IA and
आपण गोटे काम करन समस्त गोटे कॉपी दियंतु
ना petition तांको कभी दे दी state को already I have filed IA.
लैंड काउंसिल to take instruction on the IA filed by the intervener. Next,
अच्छी.
list the matter on 10th August. Next.
Your Lordship, may kindly visualize one thing.
Sir, let them find out. Jodi seta thiyo la kisi visualize
Yes,
kare
yes,
darkar nahi.
advertise, I have been selected. You lordship.
Sir, mana karuni seta jodi se challenge kari seta ADM already request
Quest.
tar mane
No,
aap
my
koi
lord,
nahi.
if at all, my lord, I have not been made a party therein.
Sir, fine sir. First dekhiba tapna seta ko challenge kare padiba.
Again, ମୁଁ ଏଥିରେ ଯୋଡ଼ି ଦେବି କରି।
Jodi after seta seta
No, no, your lordship is correct. I have to challenge that and I have to bring that writ application with this.
सब crux change हे jibo, texture change हे jibo. Next.
କେତେ ତାରିଖକୁ ହଜୁର ରଖିଲେ?
10th August.
10th August. Next.
91.
91.
In this case, notice was issued, but no counter has been filed by the state government.
State government to file the counter. 22 टा बड़े अपन
Item 90, item 92 two writ applications were there.
92.
90, item 90, your lordship, that which was adjourned to 10th August.
हाँ.
The two writ applications were there.
अच्छा आउट
Two, and by virtue of one advertisement, my lord, 5 candidates were given appointment. And out of that only
number टा दिया. Number टा देबे ना.
दीटा को जोड़ा है जी.
आज ही को जोड़ा है जी नहीं तो.
8807, 8808, two writ applications were there.
ओ अच्छा अच्छा.
Your lordship may kindly see the advertisement is of 5 Anganwadi.
Sir, good evening, sir. से check करो तो जल्दी सेटा ना होते वाला सब जिनिस गला.
Just I will apply to your lordship.
You have to challenge again.
No, yes, that's correct. But out that advertisement, your lordship will find 5 Anganwadi centers.
We'll see on that day, sir.
And 3 Anganwadi centers they are continuing. The 3 Anganwadi centers they have been given appointment and they are continuing now.
Let them.
It is astonishing. Then let us see.
Next.
91.
In this case, notice was issued.
91.
Notice was issued, but no counter has been filed. And there is an interim order also.
Take file the counter 2 weeks. 18th August. 18th August.
Short that program because
time I will sarkar to janse. 18th August.
92.
Shortest date.
Interim order to continue.
Interim order to continue. Next.
92.
92. There are 6 opposite parties. One counter I have received for opposite party number 5.
अब आगे की करना थी?
No.
State file. अन्य माने private opposite party देना है.
So the private
State
opposite party.
5 जन का state copy नहीं थी. 5
The
जन
private
joint file.
opposite party. Who is appearing for them?
I am petitioner.
No. Private opposite party की council की. नहीं, आशीना की.
Dear Mahapa.
Okay. The private opposite parties are granted 2 weeks time to file the counter. List the matter on 11th August.
Only one private opposite party. Only one private opposite party. Opposite party number 6.
ठीक है, let them file. Next.
93.
93.
This is a matter related to the promotion of the Anganwadi worker from the Anganwadi worker to Anganwadi supervisor. This case counter agent everything has been filed.
Filed?
Yeah, everything filed.
Now what
But
is the
here,
issue?
but here I will challenge.
What is the issue? From the crux,
Yes,
crux.
this is a matter. The petition has filed this writ application seeking for a direction to the opposite parties to give her promotion to the post of Anganwadi supervisor, because she has already served 17 years age, 17 years service in this department. So as per rule,
so what is the problem?
They are giving others, but they are not giving to us.
You have not. You have been
Yes, sir,
divided.
17 years already working. As per rule, I am also entitled.
So
I am a graduate.
They have given to others and not similarly
Yes,
placed.
brother, they have a counter.
You have anything? What to say?
Also, I have I have one
Seniority, my lord, we have accorded promotion to 11 numbers of candidates.
They are all senior too?
No. This is the stance taken by the state so far the counter is concerned. Paragraph number 5.
No. What is the stand you have taken? On what basis you have not considered everything solved on that, hinges on that point?
I'm only
Yes,
doing that
please,
portion, my lord.
please,
It is
please.
only submitted that as per the government instruction, had circular number 410/2008 of government in the Women and Child Welfare Department, the senior eligible graduate Anganwadi workers who have completed 5 years of service in Anganwadi worker
So
post.
you are saying bachelor degree?
6 or 17 years already complete.
Bachelor degree?
Blood?
Bachelor degree अच्छी?
Yes.
तो अपन bachelor degree अच्छी?
सब कुछ sir.
17 years service करने why have you argued?
ମୁଁ ପଢୁଛି ମୁଁ ତ as the counter filed by the state according to my counter I am submitting my lord. Anganwadi worker posts were selected since 11 vacant posts were vacant. Out of 11 numbers of Anganwadi workers were promoted to the said post of Anganwadi supervisor. The petitioner could not find herself in this list due to her seniority.
Due to her seniority.
Seniority. अन्य माने जो माने भी काम करथिबे 11टा पोस्ट थिला. अन्य माने जो माने काम करछन ସେମାନେ ताटु सीनियर थाई पारंती.
हमर चार्ट देले.
हम सेरा प्रोड्यूस
केते वर्ष काम करछि.
आगे
हला.
आगे.
Repeat the land council the state to file a comparative chart.
Yes.
Indicating the seniority of the present petitioner vis-a-vis the seniority of other candidates who have been promoted, other 11 candidates.
Oh, no, there are
And also their educational qualifications. You file it from that. A good at the point
Yes, again.
Sir,
11 ahori sir 22 জন अनेस करछि ahori 22 জন अछंती तांकु देलेनी. So let the I have my region
आपण जे पाइला लोक संगे कंपेयर न पाइला लोक संगे कंपेयर पाइला लोक संगे कंपेयर ना फिर पहला 11 जन दो दियंतु आपण की पाइला न पाइला कोन मिलिबा आपण ताका ब्रीफ नै छथि की आपण गुटे ब्रीफ अब से न पाइला लोक में क्या कहउछ जे पाई छी तांगा संगे कंपेयर wrongly they have deprived you. We'll see.
हमको सर यदि अन्य काउ कार लिस्ट दिया
Let them file. If wrongly you have been deprived, we'll see. If you have wrongly, all are senior to you, then
I will object.
You have no case.
No objection. Then they will consider when
that's the only point here.
Yes, that's only
Next item.
Let's post it.
Short date. Give it third.
I am sorry, your lordships, to intervene in the middle. I am extremely sorry. This is the intervention application in respect of 8.
Sir, mu बुझिया पई कहली बुझंतु ना तापर से डेट देखिबानी
मोर दीटा रिटा
मो इंटरवेंशन एप्लीकेशन एलो करिनी
से गोटे रे दैछन
ए जाय मु करिनी किछि करिनी से खाली आइले गले बिनी विडी वेसी कैम सॉ एंड कनक्वर्ड से बाबू छंती मैं करिनी हला किछि करिनी ए जाय
आई थिंक
लेट देम चेक फास्ट ओके
नो
से चेक कले जदि आपनकर फैक्ट्स आर ठीक थिबो ताले
नो my submission is there are 2 writ applications.
Sir, I understood, sir. केते मुडो मुडो गरम करछंती से तो ऑलरेडी ओवरलोडेड हे गेलानी
अच्छा ठीक
जो दिन आसीबो से दिन कार्य करियेनी
yes मैं प्रे तो another 5% sir file return file sir now number देबे लंगी आसले बेटा हां दे दे नंबर फल के दे नंबर
तबे कैसे आसी हला ए गुटे आपन देखि देले जाना पड़ियो जो से गोटे संगे कंपेयर कर दे बने दे बाकी से
नवरपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट रे सर केते देछन हमटो देखि सीनियर थे I don't have an object.
Next item
95
the state is to file counter as well as private opposite party.
They not file.
PwC opposite but now 5 is
file it within 1 week. State is related to file within 1 week. Place the matter on 4th August. Next
96.
My lord, item 96 on behalf of my learned senior Mr. S.S. Rao. Our chamber has recently shifted, my lord. That's why we are unable to find the file.
Okay.
So, your lordship may adjourn it.
Lord Council petitioner request for 2 weeks time.
2 weeks.
Time to request for 2 weeks simply 97.
97.
In 2015 and 16, the government took time for instructions and subsequently for counter, but till date counter has not been filed. This is matter.
You file the counter.
Poor people has not get the extension.
2 weeks time granted for filing counter.
Lots.
17. Next.
Obligation.
98.
98.
On behalf of Mr. G. Mitra, I have to file counter. Rejoinder to the counter.
You have to file counter?
I will rejoinder.
Rejoinder. You will file?
I will file.
Okay, land council for the petitioner 2 weeks time. 2 weeks time to file the rejoinder. List the matter on 16th August. Next.
99.
99.
My lord, 99, I am appearing on behalf of D. Gochat, my lord. 2 weeks time required. He failing in diarrhea, my lord.
Okay, 2 weeks time. Why the council for the petitioner is not well. List the matter on 10th August.
100.
100.
100, your lordship. Your lordship, we have sent 2 letters and numerous calls have been sent to the petitioner appellant, but he has not come up to the court. Yes.
He will not come. Let
He's-
me tell you.
He is not coming.
Take it
And
from me.
Lordship, giving the letters.
So should I say that despite best effort, the petitioner has not been able to contact the petitioner and dismiss?
Lordship, I
Not
have sent.
interested.
Lordship, I have sent the letters. Kindly look at it.
Letter come with you.
Also, I don't have any power.
You don't have power.
No, Your Lordship, because Mrs.
NTPC achi, kete power center is power me.
I've been in the
Don't say
Wakalat.
power. I have not filed wakalat.
Wakalatnama.
Power कौन ये
Wakalatnama.
वकालतनामा कोई power
Again, Wakalatnama
ये
nahi.
साधा language power गुटे कौन power attorney कौन सी तो power कौन दी ये तो वकालतनामा
Again.
file को I have not filed वकालतनामा. Don't say
Again.
power again. ठीक है क्या करें? The petitioner, land council, the petitioner submits that despite best effort, he has not been able to contact the present petitioner. Another chance may be granted to the petitioner to establish contact with the petitioner, to the petitioner council to establish contact with the petitioner. List the matter on 25th August. Hala. I would, sorry, 25th. I would chance doji. देखो try करो नाले dismiss कर दो non prosecution. hala.
Oh, bless
ये सब बड़ा आसुची तो खाली time नहीं जान्छ. hala. ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଚାନ୍ସ ଦେଖ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ନହେଲେ ଆଉ ମେଞ୍ଚେ ମତେ ଦେଖେଇଦେବ ଏମିତି ସବୁ କାଗଜ ଲଗେଇଦେବି ସେ କାଗଜ ହେଲା